Today, we played Gartic Phone, where we all go against each other in drawing competitions. Except, instead of competing, we somehow just take the prompts too far, and we draw something completely ridiculous. It's starting to get bad. We're starting off with the telephone game, where you have to draw something, and the other person has to guess what your drawing is. Now, first, we have to give a sentence for somebody else to draw. What sentence do I want? Alright, this is gonna be a little hard for people to guess, but I think it'll work.
Yeah, mine's a little difficult too.
I have a feeling mine is definitely gonna be something completely different at the end.
Mine's just silly.
But this is my first prompt.
What? No.
It says floating candy shop with a cat. I muted up so they can't hear me.
Okay, who did this?
So I gotta start drawing this. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the background, obviously. Use the paint bucket tool. Boom.
Oh, it's over for you guys.
I think Nico got something really weird, probably.
No, I got something very, very weird.
Very weird.
Is that even allowed?
Oh, nah. Is it bad?
Uh-oh.
Shady? It's something, that's for sure.
Okay. Well, I'm making my cloud.
I just want to say.
And then I gotta draw the rest of this as well. It looks like I already used up a fourth of my time, so I kind of forgot how short these rounds are.
That's not good.
Let me lock in. Let me lock in. I'm actually gonna undo that. Let me do something a little easier. Boom. Oh, yeah. I got the basis of it. I know what I'm doing. I'm using the square tool to my advantage right now. That's the strat. And I'm only gonna add a few of these because I also gotta add the entrance and the other thing that's in this prompt. Okay, boom. Now we'll do that. And then a little line here. Perfect. And then just a square in the middle. That's good. And then I cannot write out anything from this prompt, so any of the words that are there cannot be on the drawing as well. That's like a rule. So I'm just gonna do this. Actually, wait, let me undo that. This will be the sign. There we go. That word should be allowed. And now I gotta do the last part of this, which is probably the easiest.
Okay, I don't know what I just drew.
I think my drawing is actually pretty good. I think I cooked. I just gotta add the face. Boom, boom. And then that.
Okay, mine's like really poorly drawn, but I think they'll be able to guess it.
I think mine's okay.
I hope somebody can actually get at least a few of these words.
Whoa.
Okay, now I have to describe what this is. It's definitely me. It looks like I'm either singing or frolicking. I'm gonna say frolicking in the fields. Cash frolicking in the fields. That's gotta be the prompt for that one. All right, I gave my answer for the drawing.
I think I guessed mine right.
I think I did too. I have a feeling somebody would have definitely put this as their prompt.
What?
And now it's time for our next drawing, and I gotta draw that.
Oh, how do I even draw this?
Nico boiling in a bucket. Oh gosh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with well, this is kind of a morbid one, I'm not gonna lie. But it has to be drawn.
Would we be concerned?
No, it's not too much of a concern. I just feel bad for the person that I'm drawing here.
Uh-oh.
Okay, there we go. We're gonna add these little spikes. There we go. And then we're gonna add this over top. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll add little splotches in the middle, and then I gotta get like a lighter color of this. And now we are going to do that. I think that looks good. Okay, it's not bad. I'm gonna just paint bucket the middle of that, and then on this side we're gonna add that. Put some little handles on this thing, of course. You gotta have handles. It'll just be one actually right here. Nah, actually let's just put it on the sides.
Oh, I'm so locked in right now.
Not me, guys.
I'm kind of cooking. Now I can just draw the rest of this. So we're gonna grab this color, go a little darker, start here first, and then we'll do some little arms out, and then the torso. Now I just gotta get the skin color, which will probably be this. We'll fill that in, and then we gotta get the hair to go over top with some little details, and then the face. Nah, I think this is pretty good, honestly. Oh, I definitely cooked.
No, I didn't finish.
I'm done.
Oh, mine is so bad. Like, it's
I'm done.
Mine's pretty good.
too descriptive.
I actually like this. I'm actually happy with my final drawing for once. Usually it always turns out buns.
Lucky.
Ooh.
Okay, this one is definitely a I can tell Zoe drew this for sure.
Dude, why are half of these drawings about me?
Oops.
Me, yeah, did.
All right, I'm putting this down. I feel like that's the closest thing I could think of. I'm not really sure if that was the original prompt though. There's two different words I could go for here, but it looks like there's lines right there that indicate. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna overthink it. I'm just gonna put my prompt down and hope that it's right. Who cares? Oh, nah.
Ew.
Now I gotta draw the miner making Zoe cry. Okay, so I could probably do that. Let me fill in the background first. We'll add some little grass. Make it a nice little landscape. And then I'm gonna draw this person first, actually. We'll do like the little hair. And it kind of comes down like this. We're gonna make it long hair too. Then we gotta add the skin tone. Good thing I already have the color for that. And then how do the clothes look? Oh, geez. I don't know what the clothes are supposed to be like here. I'm just gonna add like little arms, I guess. Why not? Boom. Then we'll grab a darker color and then do the legs. Actually, this will be that. There we go. Okay. Then we just fill it in with the paint bucket as much as we can. And then we'll finish off this part. Oh, opacity is way too low for that. There's one leg, there's two legs, there's little hands. And then here is the face. Boom. Perfect. Now we gotta, of course, add the details. And I don't have that much time to draw the rest of this. There's a whole another part of this missing. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna kind of rush this. This side of the drawing is gonna look way worse than the rest. We're just gonna start with the face like that. And then the top of the head like this. Boom. Okay, now I gotta draw the center of this. Perfect. Oh gosh, I'm not gonna have time for the rest of this body.
Oh, no time, no time.
Hey, bruh, yeah, I got no time either.
No time either.
Oh no.
Okay.
No time, no time. Stress.
I did good. I did good.
Oh no. Oh, I'm running out. Oh gosh. Oh, that's so bad. It's fine. You know what? Okay. I think
Oh, yes, okay.
I got most of it done, you know?
Oh, I didn't finish it.
I think I got most of it done, too.
I did good. I did good.
I hope so. Oh jeez. All right, let's go. First one was mine. So I started with the prompt. Nico with a toenail clipper.
Oh, dude.
Ew.
It probably will get confused for Nico clipping his toenails, right? Yeah. Mr. Peanut did good on that though.
I know, but I took it the other way.
Yeah, Nico clipping his toenails. I thought that might happen, but I feel like that's still close enough.
Uh-oh.
But I knew what it was.
Shady drew
Okay, bro, really?
Nico clipping his toenails. Why did bro use the circle tool so much?
I only use it twice.
Oh yeah, true. Okay, and then Nico clipping his toenails.
Okay, that's good. It lined up with Mia's.
This is definitely still accurate.
This is accurate.
Oh my goodness, Zoe. You are a tryhard.
Okay, art tablet try hard.
I don't think we got too off track with that one.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, not bad. It didn't change completely. But what about Zoe's?
A floating candy shop with a cat.
What?
This is the first one I got, so I drew this. A floating candy shop with a cat.
Yay!
See? I feel like that makes sense.
I'm taking inspiration.
Don't make fun of my drawing, okay?
A cat in candy shop heaven. Oh, that's a pretty good explanation of that.
I didn't know how to do it.
Nah.
All right.
I really tried to draw the candy.
I feel bad. What is shady? Cat stealing Zoe's candy. You know, that's not a bad interpretation.
I mean, it's like my only guess. I mean, the outside was pink, but like, bruh, come on now, Mia. Could have drew some clouds or something.
Dude, I didn't know. It was hard.
Nico put this. Wait, why is Nico actually good at drawing?
That's adorable.
Yo, Zoe's on the tablet.
That's what I'm talking about.
Although it definitely went off the prompt a little bit. It's no longer a floating candy shop with a cat.
I just followed the prompt.
We blame Mia for that round.
That was my bad.
Nico started with Cash frolicking in the fields.
I wonder what this turned into.
So then Zoe drew this. I knew that was Zoe's drawing. I could just tell.
La 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 la.
And then I said Cash frolicking in the fields.
Wait, no way, you actually got it. What?
I did. I knew that was going to be the prompt. I had a feeling.
That's crazy.
What about Mr. Peanut? Okay.
Oh, I got it wrong.
I think something went wrong here.
Cash going on a walk.
How did you get frolicking in the fields, though? I'm so surprised about that.
Because I was doing like la 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 la. I just looked very elegant. And then Shady drew. Okay. Why do I look kind of Sigma? Wait, but look, Shady added musical notes, and he didn't even know that it was us frolicking.
I didn't even know he was frolicking.
His mouth spells Joe if you look at it.
Okay, that's kind of true. I cannot unsee that.
Okay, he's literally whistling, dude. He's whistling.
Joe.
Nah. Okay, Shady gave the prompt. Nico's butt dribbling fart water?
I don't know what that means, bro.
And of course Nico got it first, too.
Oh!
Oh, I got a different prompt.
Ain't nobody guessing this.
I think I know what this turned into. Zoe said Nico boiling in a bucket.
I put Nico boiling in a bucket.
That's what I got. So then I drew Nico boiling in a bucket.
No!
Help me!
Burning.
Mr. Peanut said Nico being cooked alive in a pot. Yeah, I didn't really know how to make it look like a bucket. I should have added the handle on top.
I did better on this drawing if you look.
Okay.
What is that?
Stop! Like, it's hard.
I guess it's not as bad, but why are you using the square tool? What is that?
Honey, it's okay. Art isn't for everyone, okay?
Dude.
That was definitely a hard prompt to keep. Okay.
I made mine easy.
Oh, this one.
Rat eating smelly cheese.
I made it super easy.
So Shady drew a rat eating smelly cheese. Nom nom nom.
Nom nom derp.
But Nico changed it to mouse sniffing moldy cheese.
No, what?
You see, I knew that was gonna happen because that's what I got. Zoe drew that.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. What the heck?
That is so good.
That was literally insane. And I got it as well, like a mouse smelling stinky cheese.
Stinky cheese.
Dude, Zoe's drawing is insane.
Shady literally put nom nom. What about peanut?
Oh,
What?
Wait, that one's pretty good too.
Why is the peanut actually goated?
golden artist.
That's crazy.
That was a W drawing. At least the prompt stayed kind of similar.
We got some artists in here.
Picasso.
And the final one is Mr. Peanuts. He started with the prompt, Toast Miner hitting Zoe with a cookie.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, again, I'm not the best at drawing, so bear with me.
Ow.
What is Toast Spider's head?
I almost put that exact thing, but I thought it was gonna be too like descriptive.
Toast Miner angry at Zoe. Oh, yeah, okay.
I tried. I'm not the best.
I think the point got through for that. This is a pretty good drawing as well. Toast Miner angry at Zoe. He making her cry. Miner making Zoe cry.
I simplified it.
Yeah, she definitely did. So I saw that and I drew this. I couldn't finish it in time. He's yelling at her. She crying.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Not good though.
True.
Now it's time for the next round, and I'm going to speed run this. I'm just going to think of something real quick. This one's going to be a really weird one to draw, so I kind of want to see how this goes through. If it actually stays until the end, I'd be really surprised. And now this is... Oh!
All right, what is that?
Ooh.
Wait, I could totally draw mine. Mine is kind of good. This is an amazing prompt to start with. Let me just work quickly. Okay, and now we'll do this. I know exactly how to draw it. We got to start with that. Oh, wait, actually, hold on. We'll start like this, and then it'll go around this way. Oh my gosh, this one's going to be such cookage right now. Yes.
Think I'm doing good.
There we go. And then it'll come back around like that. And then there's that. I just got to make sure to fill it all in. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're going to draw these little things. Make sure I don't run out of time as well. There's one side. There's the other side. Okay, good. Fill that in with white. I don't want to spend too much time here, but I just want to make sure it's actually detailed. Now we'll go in with this like that. And then we will draw the rest of this. I think it's going to come down here like that. And then there's the back of it. Then we just got to fill it in. Oops. Didn't connect the wires. There we go. Perfect. And then we'll just add a bunch of... Oops. Still had the paint bucket out.
I don't like that giggling sound.
Oh, this just looks sus. Hold on. Wait.
Should I be afraid?
You know what? Maybe this was the wrong kind of one to draw, but it's fine. I think this kind of gets the point across anyways.
Mine's a little easy. Simple.
Mine's pretty simple too.
This is disgusting.
I'm scared for what you got.
I'm gonna add an arrow as well.
Okay, I did good. I did good.
Okay, mine was very specific. If I had more time, I could have made it way better, but that's fine. Now I gotta describe this scene.
Oh.
Oh, this is a pretty good drawing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna say
I know Shady drew this one.
that's the prompt. I have a feeling that's probably it. And now, okay.
Oh.
I gotta draw myself with a full belly. I could probably do that. Let me start with the background, of course. Fill that in. I'm gonna start using the square tool a little more. It's kind of goated. 1, 2.
I'm not gonna lie, using the tools make your drawing look buns.
Not all the time. You just can't overuse them.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. You don't need to get too descriptive. Like you could just like use it so it like helps describe the scene. It doesn't need to be pretty.
Yeah.
In this game mode.
That is very true. Okay, now we'll add the legs here like that. And then the arms will kind of come out like this. And then I will fill it in with the paint bucket tool. Let's get the skin color and then do that. Add some hair. And then lastly, the face. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's the end of that, I guess. You know, I'm just going to leave it because I'm not really sure what else to do there. Now I'm just going to add some details on this side. The reason I cannot describe exactly what I'm doing out loud is because everybody could hear me. So I don't want to give anything away.
I hear you.
No, you cannot hear me.
Yes, I can.
Oh my. I think this kind of gives it away pretty nicely. I hope so, at least. I'm just gonna an arrow just so that they focus on this area. There we go. I'm already done. I'm goated.
Okay, I'm done.
My drawings aren't really the prettiest, but as long as they get the point across, that's all that matters.
True bean.
Done as well.
Okay.
All right, now I have to describe this. What am I? This is definitely a Zoe drawing.
What?
I'm not really sure what this thing in the center is. Oh wait, I know what it is. I can see it now. There we go. That's totally the prompt. It has to be.
This is crazy.
100%. And I could tell that it's a Zoe drawing because it's literally like an artist made it. I don't know how she did it in that short amount of time. Oh, and now I gotta do... Okay, really, bruh? You know what? I'll just make this quick. Is this yours, Mia?
No, I got one that's about you.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna start with the body here, and then we're just gonna go in with a little darker color, and then add the details on it. We need the details. There's that. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now we're just gonna add some little arms and legs. There's 1. There's 2. Perfect. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna add this. Gonna make it tiny. That's good. I kind of have the same process whenever I draw people. I just do their color first so you can tell who it is, and then I do their skin tones after. There we go. We'll add the hair now as well. Boom. And the last thing I need to do is just do the face right here. There's one eye. There's the second eye. Make sure they're filled in, and then we're gonna make the pupils really derpy. Let's grab black, and we'll do one here, and then that's done. I guess I could add a little more detail since I have the time. Why is she giggling?
Because it's a funny prompt.
Oh no, kind of scared to see it. I think that's pretty good. I'm done.
Oh, no time, no time.
Zoe got no time, and the round is done.
Oh, I didn't have time.
Ugh, I cooked on that last drawing.
It's time to see mine first.
I bet you did.
Yeah, I mean, the last drawing is for real just a free draw. It doesn't even matter.
I put Mia stepping on Nico's hand.
Oh, I think I got this.
I felt like it was gonna be hard. Oh, okay, that's
Oh.
a good descriptive drawing.
I messed up one word.
Mia said Mia stomping on Nico's hand.
Oh.
That's good. Okay,
That's pretty close.
let's see if we keep going here. Mia stomping on his hand.
Oh.
Yep, that works. Oh, and Nico got it perfectly.
Mia stomping on Nico's hand.
Perfect.
Yo, he got that, yeah, insanely well.
I didn't have time.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, okay.
Hey, yo, Mia bald.
Oh, wow.
I didn't have time.
That actually was probably the best one so far.
That was like spot on.
It looks like it went all the way through, yeah.
Zoe's insane.
What did Zoe put? Cash killing Mia in Among Us. So then I drew
Among Us.
this.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I cooked.
I got a different prompt.
Mr. Peanut said Cash consuming Mia in Among Us.
Oh.
Okay, I think that was just a little too descriptive.
Oh.
All right, what is that?
But you know, your boy had to clutch it up for the one time now.
Oh, yeah! Cash killing Mia in Among Us.
Bam!
Oh, that is so sick.
Okay, bro, why we try hard?
Not for real.
What's going on?
That's good.
Holy moly.
That's what I'm talking about.
It was the actual death screen. Okay, Nico said Zoe admiring a sunset.
Oh.
So then Zoe drew this. Oh, I knew Zoe. Okay, I thought it was actually somebody else.
Wow.
Chill little vibe.
But I put Zoe staring off into the sunset.
Pretty good.
I was a little off, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Yo, he put all the time into the background and none into Zoe.
No, that's real though.
Zoe staring at the sunset.
Look at my ugly drawing, bro.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Ooh, that's pretty good though.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
The shading's there.
It definitely is. I like the background. Okay, next. Shady put Cash shaking around his hairy belly.
Dude, it's hard to draw this one.
Shaking around his hair. Okay.
Oh!
Why is there music?
I don't know.
Cuz you gotta have some belly shaking music, bruh.
Cash with a full belly.
Oh, heck no.
That's what I got, so I drew this. Cash with a full belly.
I thought he was full.
Yeah, okay, bro, always gotta be full.
Oh, man.
Cash with his fluffy okay, bruh.
Floppy lard? Yo!
Okay, bruh.
So I tried to draw it.
Mr. Peanut with the floppy lard mention.
Are you serious?
What is that?
That's Cash.
That's crazy, bruh.
Let's go. That was a good one.
Nasty. Okay, Mia said Nico eating an angry snail.
Angry snail?
Yeah.
Okay, Martin. Why the circles?
The angry part of it is so small.
Yeah, true. You can't really tell that it's angry. Nico eating a snail. Yup. So Zoe drew this.
Snail.
Bro.
Wow, what the heck? That's crazy.
What in the world?
At first, I couldn't even tell that was a snail. I thought he was like eating a chocolate, and Zoe just miscolored that part. But then I figured it out, and I put Nico eating a snail.
Okay, but it's supposed to be angry, dude.
Angry snail.
I'm sorry.
That's my fault.
Yo, he got the snail on a spoon.
Going after Zoe is criminal.
That's true.
I'm sorry.
And Mr. Peanut finally put Mr. Peanut eating Cash, which is kind of messed up, by the way. Peanut should not eat me.
I low-key sold here. I almost put Mr. Peanut, but I just decided to just do Peanut.
Yeah,
Oh, I did peanut.
Peanut eating Cash. I think this is the one I got. Wait, no. That's the one Nico got. So that means that Zoe got it correct. Okay. Peanut eating Cash.
I got it.
Yo, why am I so big in the Nico drawing? He can't even fit me.
You got your floppy lard hanging out.
I drew this. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Peanut eating Cash. We did it.
Good.
Very beautiful.
I would say that's a win.
That's a win in my book.
That's a dub.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we played Among Us, but everybody in the game looks the exact same. We can't tell each other apart other than our names, so it's gonna make it really hard to figure out who got the kills and who's actually innocent. Hello, YouTube! Today we are all Psyducks, and we're gonna try and figure out who the imposters are with all of us looking the same.
Let's go.
And it's time for my first roll. I got imposter first, and I got it with Squid. Okay, and I got the janitor, so I can clean up bodies for him if I want to. Look at all of us. Everybody looks the exact same. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me try and follow Squid around so I can clean up any of his kills. Where did he go? Squid, are you around here? No. We're gonna have to try and keep track just by name, because it's gonna be impossible to figure out who's doing what. Oh, Meebo put a medic shield on me, so I know he's medic. I can't vote out anybody though, because it's kind of like messed up. Let's go around here. Okay, maybe we could turn out lights. I think lights will definitely be the play here. And just make sure it's still out. Okay, good. Engineer's not fixing it. I like that. Let's see if I can get a little skibbity kill real quick. Hello? Anybody want to die to the janitor? Nobody around here. Miner just hopped out that vent. Where was it?
Oh no, the Psyduck was sitting on the floor.
Oh no.
On the bottom right of the map, in specimen room. The murderer must have walked down from laboratory, killed them because I walked from the left side, from admin. They probably vented out or something.
Nah, last I saw Miner and Squid were with Alyssa.
Why y'all lying about medbay all the time?
They did not medbay.
By the way, I would like to fully clear Meebo. I know he's not a killer.
Depending on who medbait, I'm sus of everyone who's in laboratory.
I'm in laboratory right now, but I just got there.
Wait, Cash, you were invisible.
What?
Yeah, I was there too.
I was invisible?
Yeah, didn't you leave Decontam?
No, I didn't even go into decontam at all.
Then who was that?
I don't know. It could be the astral.
Oh no.
Oh, there's an astral? I thought it was a Psyduck.
Okay, good one. Good one.
Okay.
Nico's awfully quiet, even though he reported the body. Nothing else to say? You didn't see anyone?
No, I didn't see anyone.
Low-key, Zoe been awfully quiet this whole round.
If this was a self-report, I would not have done this one.
Medbay.
Okay, I gotta make sure to protect Squid whenever he kills. I'm just gonna stay near him. Looks like there's a group of people right here. And everybody just looks the same. This is hilarious. Alright, Squid, who you gonna kill, bruh? You want me to clean it? I will. We just gotta be very careful. Alright, Mia. Let's go. I'm gonna have to spam clean here. Mia's definitely gonna die. Squid, get the kill. Squid, get the kill. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, let's check around. I don't know if Squid actually can kill Mia right now. We gotta find somebody that's alone. Yeah. Alright, perfect. Is there anybody over here? Doesn't look like it. Okay, Squid's gonna go there. He's probably gonna go get a kill. Down here, if I were to guess. Hello, Juliet. Are you gonna kill someone? Yo, Squid, I'm waiting on you, bruh. Hurry it up. Oh, gosh. I don't know where he is. I might just have to kill in here. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh.
Oh no.
What was the plan?
I did not have a plan. You just walked in at the wrong time, okay?
It's enough for me. He's trying to act like a jester. Vote him out. Oh my god.
I thought you were safe.
I am safe. I am safe. Believe me. I am safe.
Is there still a bomber?
Safe or a liar?
I'm not a liar.
So I got a crucial role, and one of my tasks are impossible, so I'm useless.
Oh.
Awesome.
Zoe, did the Miner medbay or are they just lying?
Miner did not medbay, but Meebo and I have been safe and chill.
The miner is the jester, and Cash is one of the imposters.
I did not see you medbay.
The miner is the jester.
Me and Miner medbay.
Miner's an imposter. I know this based on the stuff I've been doing.
I can't say nothing.
I feel like we're gonna vote Cash and he's gonna get a free jester win, and then
That's what I'm thinking. I'm not trying to pick him.
You could skip and not vote me.
I know Miner's one of them.
You know miner's one of them. How do you know it's one of them?
Based on the stuff I'm doing with my specific role, I am able to narrow it down.
Okay, so if you think it's him, why didn't we just vote him?
Yeah, no, we should have, but everyone skipped. But I know it's the Miner because I'm doing some research.
She's researching.
Bloody.
The Miner's so gonna kill me. You guys got the wrong guy. I met
I don't believe him.
me and Miner low-key did medbay on the first round though. Like,
Both of you guys always be lying about that. I don't know. Okay. Well, I am kind of playing it off as a jester, so that's why they don't want to vote me. But I think either way, I'm cooked. Anyways, that was a bad kill. We know. She caught me, and she definitely knows. Hey, yo, listen. Nico, I know you're the snitch. I don't really know what he's gonna do. But yeah, let's just go sit on cams. We making a play today. I'm not gonna kill you, Mia. Don't worry. Don't you vote me out.
I think I have found out the two imposters.
Who killed them?
Well, Cash, I was hanging out with you. Just to be sure, I wanted to make sure you were a safe guy. And you weren't!
And he murdered Nico, didn't he?
I don't know if he murdered Nico because I didn't see the kill.
I would never do such a thing. I did not kill Nico. I don't even know where you guys are.
who was at that medbay scanned with me at the end of the round? Who was that?
You didn't medbay! I medbay.
What?
I went down all the way to the office and then comms went out. So I went back up to go turn it back on.
Where's the body right now? Where is it?
Body is currently right outside of storage, like right outside the front door.
I really think Miner's the jester, Cash is the imposter. I don't know the other one though.
No. I think the miner's the imposter.
Get him out.
You really think that the Miner's the imposter?
I think I can clear him.
I'm for certain. I am for certain.
I can clear the miner.
All right, so if he's the jester,
No, if he's a jester, that is on me.
I expect VMT's crisp lips on my butt.
What?
You are not getting that, bro.
If he's the jester. But if not, congratulations, Mia. You are the best player ever.
Please. There's no way. No, what?
Bring him here. Pucker him up. Come here, Sadie. Pucker him up, VMT.
Yo, what?
What did I tell you, bro? Cash janitor, Miner jester. I told you. Ah!
I don't know why Shady's still clapping over there, but we got crewmate, so that's cool. And I got medic. All right, so I can trust anyone who does medbay. Now, who wants to do medbay? Anybody? Anybody want to do medbay? No one? Okay, well, I guess nobody's doing medbay. Never mind. I'm gonna shield anyone who I'm sure is clear. Okay, we're getting time lorded. Oh god. Yo, we just got reverse timed. Zoe, was there a body? Where's the body at? Is somebody dead? Wait, everyone's still alive. Interesting. Okay, who fixed it? Nico, Juliet, Zoe's right here. All right, I'm gonna check to see if anyone's dead. VMT's right here. I swear, if I die right here, I'm gonna be so sad. Wait, Mia's just camping there. I don't know if I trust that. I feel like I could trust Zoe. And VMT's dead. Where is it?
Wo ist die Body? It's in electrical.
What?
But I just went in there. Wait, somebody just left electrical. Let me stop, because I was completely wrong last time.
I'm sorry.
Miner was the only one left in there. I saw him running from the body.
Are you sure?
Let's hear some more info out of Mia.
I don't trust any of these plays, guys.
Don't listen to me.
I see a random shady sitting at the top of the map.
Oh, probably an imitator placed him down. Or Joker. Something like that. Whatever, never mind. Let me stop.
That is not what I was doing, but I was low-key at the top of the map trying to figure out my role, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Oh.
I have a little bit of information.
What you got, Peanut?
I was on camera and I saw Squid going to admin and he never left.
That just didn't happen. I don't even know when you were talking about. I looked in admin for 1 second. I went down, did my leaves task, went into electrical, did my task there. I did my task above lower engine, and then I was doing my last task.
All right.
No, I believe him. Dang, everyone voted Squid.
I want to press it. And why am I being voted?
I love it.
I think the only thing sus about Shady was that he was standing at the top of the map, but I feel like I could trust Zoe for this, so I feel like I want to shield her. Where's Zoe at? Am I blind? Did she go this way? Oh, Zoe's this way. All right, I want to shield her. She's the only one I trust right now. All right, Zoe, I just put a shield on you. Did you see that? Okay, good, she saw it. She could be Jester, though. I don't know if she really did that task. Do I want to do any tasks around here? I don't know. Alyssa came from this way. Oh, and we're getting time lorded. Oh, gosh. Well, I don't know what happened. Juliet, Shady, hello? Nico's in here. Mia's there. Someone gonna die? Someone gonna die? If Nico dies here, I feel like it's Shady. All right, Julia walked down there with Nico. I'm just trying to keep track as best as I can right now of who's going where and if anyone is standing still. All right, Nico's in medbay. Zoe and Alyssa are together. Oh gosh. What in the skibbity toilet's going on? Okay, interesting. Is somebody gonna die? Nobody's dead yet. I keep forgetting I could check vitals from wherever I want. Nobody's dead. Mia's right there. She came out of a vent. Everyone's still alive? How is this happening? All right, well, I guess I could just go ahead and watch. Oh, and someone's dead. Who's dying? Was that Squid who died?
No, that's crazy.
Did we clutch that?
No, okay, bro. Whoever the Time Lord is reversed Squid from dying, but I was low-key so convinced that Squid was trying to kill me, bro. Like, what were you doing?
The Time Lord just saved me.
Get her out.
I have no defense. It was me.
Oh, no!
Good, now who's your imposter partner?
What?
Is the other one the Peanut? Because did y'all see the button press?
Yeah, it's Peanut.
I did see the button press. It was a fully blacked out character.
Yeah, it looked like the person was in the mode.
I switched it. I was trying to be confusing.
I'm confused. I skipped for you, girly pop. You deserve better.
Thank you.
Get her off the ship!
Out!
All right, well, Alyssa was the astral, which means the other imposter left is just a janitor. They're gonna have to cook if they want to here. Juliet and Peanut are together. No one's dead yet. Now, I could shield someone. Miner just hopped into a vent, and I'm pretty sure the janitor can hop in vents. Is Shady gonna medbay? I do not have medbay. Okay, so Miner and Squid are both hopping in and out of vents. Squid just medbayed, so I know he's chill. Okay, so I know Squid's probably engineer. Miner is either jester or janitor. Let's see. Nico and Meebo are in here. Interesting. Let's walk down this way.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Guys, can we please vote the Miner?
Bae.
Interesting.
He keeps killing in front of me.
Where was the body?
I'm watching it happen. Bottom of storage. storage.
1, 2, 3. That's enough for me.
That's enough for me as well.
Zoe was walking away from that.
Wait, there's a body there?
But yeah, we can vote the miner, and if not, then I'm sus as Zoe.
I don't think it's the miner. The miner was like openly venting in front of us like they're the jester or something.
Let's do it.
Zoe has been venting around too. Just some info.
A way to give my roll away.
Guys, I'm medbay scanned.
I figured it could be Zoe, it could be the miner. Juliet, you're also sus.
I don't want to mess this up and the miner's actually Jester and Zoe's the imposter.
Because Zoe was running away in cafeteria.
Okay.
Really, guys?
GG's.
So how are we doing this every game?
Oh my goodness. Why? Why?
Juliet.
Why do I trust you? Ah, it's time we go again. And it looks like I got crewmate again. So we're gonna have to figure out who this imposter is. And I got mayor, so I got more votes than everyone. Each round it stacks up too, so I get more and more votes. For this game, I feel like I just want to sit on cams though. I don't know why. I'm just tired of running around doing tasks all the time, you know? So let's see who's sus. Okay, well, no one's on cams. I see the miner. He's hopping in and out of vents, so I know he's a person that can vent. Shady's over here on cams. Okay, interesting. Let's just go look around for bodies then. I need to keep track of everyone and everything. Meebo trapped that vent, so I know it's not him. Okay. And I just died to Meebo. Never mind. So I guess it was him. Wow. Well,
The peanut did it.
Probably, he was there.
Get him out.
Is he in the weapons, like hiding? Wait, Nico, who is that person hiding in there?
I think it was the Peanut.
Okay.
Peanut, were you doing the tasking weapons?
No, there's no task on that side.
I'm not even in weapons.
Vote casted.
I'm in weapons right now.
You could be the jester here.
Chill, 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 chill.
I saw nobody.
Let Peanut explain himself because I saw Peanut at the admin table.
Yeah, I'm still there.
Exactly, because he went into astral form and absolutely killed Cash right outside of the thing, and then he was at admin table. You know what I'm saying?
He's at weapons right now.
I ended in the bottom specimen.
There's a peanut in weapons right now.
That's not me. I'm not in weapons.
Oh, wait, no way, right?
Yeah, because there's a peanut in weapons right now, and if the other peanut or the real one is in admin.
I'm doing download in weapons. Miner's not in weapons.
Me, Alyssa, and VMT were in the bottom right of the map.
I'm skipping. I don't know anything.
Yeah, VMT's the bomber. That's enough for me.
let's see if they can figure it out next round. I guess I could do my task while I'm still dead. That's all I really got. Can't believe I thought it was Meebo at the start of the round. It was actually Peanut. So messed up. Done. Let's download. Let's do our wire tasks right here. And this one too. Boom, 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 boom. Gotta upload. And Nico's dead. Someone gonna find it. Perfect. And his body got reported.
I'm telling y'all, bruh, it's the peanut. Get him out. Get him out.
Did you walk away from the body, or what were you doing there?
Peanut is not safe, bro. Miner, stop clearing him. I know what's going on here. I know what's going on here. I'm seeing right through the book. Miner is trying to clear Peanut because when we vote him out, then we're going to be like, oh, wait, Miner has got to be his teammate because he's clearing him, but he's actually going to be the jester again. All right, let's get Peanut off the ship right now.
I didn't want to report it without checking my surroundings first.
No, I don't know if I trust Juliet too much, though, because he literally just left me. I did a little task. I don't know who was on cams, and then he went up into that, like, wait, where is it? The boiler room area.
Listen, guys, we don't need the Yap Fest, okay? You guys can give me a pat on the back after we vote out Peanut, and it says he's the killer.
Well, kill Peanut, but I'm sus on Juliet.
Congratulations, Zoe. Do you want a golden sticker? Just vote out the Peanut right now.
Okay.
We'll jot that down in our notebook, but we need to watch this first.
They just need to listen to Shady, to be honest. Well, time to get the rest of my tasks done. Boom, and boom, and boom. This is the last one, right? Yep, I'm done. Time to go spectate VMT. He's the janitor. Is he gonna kill Alyssa right here? Oh, it could be smart. Who knows? I want to see if he's gonna turn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, is Alyssa about to die in here? Be for real. He's playing very slow. He's not getting any kills right now. Yo, if he doesn't get any kills, the tasks are just gonna get done here.
Dude, I almost finished my task.
Which one?
It was the one with the buttons that takes forever where you have to copy the pattern. I was on the 5th one.
Miner, what were you doing all game, dude?
I think it was medbang.
Probably medbang.
Do we believe this?
No, don't believe him. I highly doubt it.
As the jester. If you have medbay, let's go watch.
I have medbay.
Well, you probably are sus of me, but you know I'm chill. Like, I'm chill.
Let's go watch, Meebo. Miner, you literally just said you had medbay.
I honestly don't know who the other imposter is, though.
I'm sus on Juliet still. Whoever killed him.
I'm gonna clear Zoe.
It's not Zoe. I don't think it's Meebo.
I think Juliet killed Nico. I'm still stuck on that.
I'm sus of Gillette as well, because she's hovering around me and my twin sometimes, so.
I do be sus on Juliet. Squid, do you have anything to say about Juliet?
Me and Juliet were together the whole last round, but they were trying to build an alibi with me, and that's why nobody died.
Why am I still us after we know that the peanut was the astral?
Because he died too quick and you were right next to the body.
Yeah, girl.
He literally left a second ago and he's dead now.
There isn't two imposters, Miss Girly.
Exactly.
And that second one is you. And we know it's you. So we coming to get you. Hold up. That rhymes. Why do I low-key want some food? Oh, maybe keep going, because I'm finna get rude.
All right, let's see. Is VMT gonna get any kills as the janitor? Oh, well, Alyssa's dead. How'd that even happen?
Ah, the body dropped just there.
Yeah, it's Juliet. It's Juliet.
What?
I cannot believe it.
No, wait!
I just saw it drop.
Watch me do weapons!
No, we're not watching you do weapons. Get off the ship, Juliet, now.
Please! You murder!
I'm in disbelief that the miner got Jester 3 times, bruh.
I'm saying.
There's no way.
Nice job, guys!
VMT's kind of playing a smart game by not killing anyone right now. I don't know why. I feel like he definitely should get some kills. And the button got pressed.
How do you know?
Miner's saying it's Squid.
I'm still shocked it's not Juliet.
I was fully believing you guys.
I thought it was 100%.
I know it's Mia. I know it's Mia. Mia's finding a hard time picking up these kills because everyone's like grouped up a little bit. But Mia, like, I know. You're like, oh, like, I can't kill anyone. Like, it's been so long, I can't kill anyone. Just vote yourself out, all right? Come clean.
I know you can't have a full vouch on me, Meebo. However, I mean, you've been around me when I've done my tasks. Like, you could have saw the bar went up. I still have 2 tasks down low I could do. Like, I can prove my innocence here.
There is no way.
Squid, how dare you? How dare you accuse me?
Look at you laughing because you know I'm right.
We skip here. This is like a sus button press.
Mia, I'll let you have your fun. Come chase me around a bit more. Maybe even kill me. If that makes you feel any better.
You're in laboratory and I am in admin. I'm not even near you.
Stop it.
I think Shady just needs to do his tasks. At this point, nobody's killing, just do tasks. Why is he sitting around with 0 out of 6 done? Alyssa also needs to complete her tasks. She only got 3 out of 6. I just said in chat, Alyssa tasks, please. Nobody's getting killed out here and everybody's got 6 out of 6. Nico said his last task is literally impossible. Wait, what? Really? Oh, and Zoe's dead. Wow.
Hey, Squid.
What's up, buddy?
You and me saw each other, bro, in that body. Like, where's the body, VMT?
Whoever's on the cams got my back.
It's on the bottom of admin.
Okay, who is on cams?
There's no way that you guys are just like low-key beefing. It's like confusing the heck out of us because like why could it actually be Miner? And he's just like playing mind games with us because he did get Jester the 2 rounds before. So this could actually be his game.
I have a possible thought, which could be wrong. It's typically wrong most of the time. However, the one time Alyssa dies, VMT is not near her, but is by her the entire game.
You know, I know how bad it looks, and I literally thought the same thing, because I'm like, wow. Look, see, this is why you don't stray away from me. I'm just that guy. You should just hang around me. I've literally been just walking around this whole game. Like, I've been chilling in the office. I've been walking around trying to find the groups. I swear, I thought it to myself. I just didn't want to bring it up. It's like, I know how bad it looked, and I didn't want to look like I was trying to defend myself.
You do be looking bad. Not gonna lie. Because Alyssa dead, Zoe dead.
I was walking through Specimen, and I was going through the door, like going into admin, and then she was just there. Whoever killed her was like just walking out of office, probably.
I saw Miner go into Specimen.
Because they called whatever, the reactor, like to get people to go up.
Oh, Meebo and I went up. Well, I tried to go up. I think it got turned off.
Actually, yeah, Miner did go out of Specimen that round.
We could skip. We don't need to vote.
Because the killer is quite slow. But Meebo is 100% safe, can vouch. Just want to get that out there. Medbay. I watched it.
Is Miner voting for himself, bro?
Who was that?
That was the Miner, bro. Like, why we pretended? The guy came out of the vent, walked into the group, and killed someone.
Don't vote Miner. Wait, I just remembered he did vent. He vented right in front of me, like on purpose, so I saw him. I don't know. That could be a crazy convenience.
There's no way he's Jester 3 games in a row. Get him out.
Okay, that's what I'm thinking, but like I got Bomber like 10 games in a row. You feel me? This is kind of scary now.
I know I'm safe because obviously I know my role. It was not Squid.
Okay, there is an engineer still here.
That is I.
You're the engineer. Like, okay, well, probably shouldn't have said that. But, okay, well then don't vote the Miner then.
So, Meebo medbay scanned. I'm the engineer. Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I already voted Miner. Get him out of the game.
Wait, I know he's not the Jester because I was the first one to get into laboratory, which means if he vented there, Jester can't move vents.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
They can't vent travel.
So, Miner's the engineer. I don't know if the spy's in this game, but spy was one of the roles, and they can vent.
It's Miner, guys. The broken clock is right twice a day, and we've never been right once, so let's vote him out.
Oh no, they're gonna vote vote the miner out, aren't they?
But then what if he's the engineer and then you're just throwing a shot and then that makes you look bad, so you want us to vote you as a jester?
Well, Squid wasn't near the Zoe kill.
Yeah, I was not on this kill.
Well, jester can't kill.
That's why it's Miner.
No, Squid wasn't near when Zoe died. The round before, Squid wasn't there. I watched him. He was sitting up top with me. I'm gonna go miner, dude.
Oh, you guys fell for that again? Really?
Wow.
Oh, for what?
I'm just kidding. Oh my god!
Squid, what is wrong with you?
Hey, no way!
You threw my game!
I can't believe you killed Nico!
Dang it, bro. Oh my gosh, I could have had that on lock.
Bro, I knew right as I died, I was like, yep.
Bro, no way.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye!
Today, we survived 100 days in a grocery store in Fortnite. The only twist is that there's waves of zombies we have to survive and upgrade our weapons to kill them. Do you think we'll survive 100 waves? Let's see. Alright guys, it is day 1 and our goal is to survive 100 days in this grocery store.
Oh gosh, okay.
Kill the zombies. And also, do we have limited ammo?
There's a bunch of zombies in our way and there's 100 waves of them. So we gotta survive all of these guys.
All right.
I do not like this.
Make sure to conserve ammo, guys.
Why is
I
that?
think we have limited amounts of it.
Wait, we do?
I got 200 bullets. Oh yeah, we definitely do.
Only headshots.
Make sure not to use all your ammo on these guys.
Only headshots.
I'm only hitting headshots right now.
Baidu.
So about that.
I'm gonna go over this way. Maybe I can clear some debris. Oh, I can't open it. Never mind. Hey, back away.
Ooh, you almost got eaten.
All right, this door costs 1,000 to open. Is someone gonna open it?
I don't have 1,000.
Hey, you don't have 1,000?
How do you know how much money you have?
Nah, I'll open it. Fine. I guess I got the most money.
I got a solid 300.
Someone else gotta open the next one though. And it's also a little dark in here. How can we turn on the lights?
How do you see how much money you have?
I don't know.
It's in the bottom right.
Oh yeah, I have 1,000.
Nah, bro could have opened the door.
Bruh.
Sorry, Kasha.
Ooh, medium ammo. I don't need that right now. I need pistol ammo. Hey, watch out behind you. Zoe, you gotta clear this.
I could buy a drum gun.
I'm trying.
Why would you buy a gun when you can open the door for us?
True. Okay, which door?
This one.
Okay. Oh, it says I need a key card.
If we turn on the power, we can actually see a lot better. So I want to get the lights on.
Why is it disappearing?
I don't have a key card.
What do you mean you don't have a key card? You just gotta open this door.
Oh, this one? Oh, it's cost 1,500.
Oh my goodness.
Let me get a kill.
Bro wasted his money on a drum gun. Oh nah.
I did not.
Okay. There's 45 zombies left. If you look at the top of the screen, you can see how many zombies are remaining.
Okay, there we go. All right, I'm opening the door.
Let's go. Hello, zombies.
Okay.
All right, we need to go turn on the power. Let's go.
Where's the power?
To use those machines, we actually need to go get it. I'm pretty sure it's past that door. Keep killing zombies and making money.
We're trying.
1,500. I got 1,500. Let's go. On our way through. This one's another 1,500. Really? Oh, Mr. Peanut's got it. All right, there's a scar right there. The elevator, you need a key for that. But where's the power button?
There was a lot of zombies in here.
All right, well, it's not there. Oh, yo, watch out. It was on my back.
Oh gosh.
Hey, get off me. Really, bro? I got hit? Are you serious? At least I regen health, so it doesn't matter that much. Boom, headshot. Boom, headshot. Boom, headshot. Oh, I got one bullet left.
What do we do?
We gotta find where the lights are.
Yeah, true that.
Get all these zombies.
Yo, who is spamming their pistol like that?
That's my fault.
All it takes is one headshot.
You're right.
Look, I'm just clearing all of them out with one pistol bullet each. Boom.
How do you do it?
Just hit them in the head, Zoe.
I'm working on it.
Nah, she does not know how to headshot.
I do not know how to aim.
Are you kidding me, bruh?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna let you guys clear these zombies. I'm gonna look for the power. Maybe it's through this door. Nope, it's not. It's maybe in the middle of the store.
Ow!
Get out of my way, zombies. There's so many of you guys.
Nico is not watching my back.
Okay, wait. They're actually cornering me. It's fine.
Yeah, there is a lot of zombies here. We gotta exterminate all of them.
Yeah, back away. Wait, I'm gonna throw a grenade on these guys. Boom.
I got you.
Take that. All right, let's open this. Oh, that was medium ammo. Did not mean to open that.
Okay, how do you open stuff? I have 3,000.
I'm opening this door. Let me through.
You know, we gotta find the power. It's gotta be somewhere.
Okay, there's a pump shotgun I could buy, but I won't waste my money right now. I'll instead use it on this door once I make enough. The power must be in there, right?
Yeah, totally.
Probably in the middle somewhere. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I have 5,000 coins as well if we need, in case we need any of that.
I just want to get the lights on.
Yeah, it's way too dark.
All right, headshot. Boom, boom. All right, now I can open.
I'm opening it.
Let's go. That's the mystery box, and there's a ramp that goes out of here, but there's no power.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna die.
I can't see anything. Okay, low-key, I kind of want to buy the mystery box. I'm gonna do it. It's called the lucky box. Give me something good.
Ooh, a lucky box.
Ooh, a shotgun. Take that. Boom. Okay, not bad.
Where is this power?
I am going to die.
Boom. Okay, this shotgun is goated.
Ow.
I don't really need it against these zombies because they're so weak anyways, but maybe for the later zombies, once they're stronger, I could use it.
Why are there so many zombies?
I'm upgraded to a Scar.
Oh, yeah. Scar's gonna be good.
It's not legendary, though.
Leave one zombie left.
Okay, yeah. There's a ton of them. Okay, wait, leave one.
Leave one, leave one, leave one.
It said that there's 3 zombies, but there's literally...
There's definitely more than one.
It just takes more. Okay, whatever. We can kill them.
Okay.
Now where do we go?
Just clear any pathway. Here, I'll open this one once I get 1500.
I got a fuse. I don't know what the fuse is for.
Oh, you got to use that fuse, Nico.
For what?
The power.
You're silly.
Where do I go to use it, though?
I don't know. Look for it.
I'm trying to find where I can insert the fuse.
I'll look for you as well. I'm not seeing where to put it.
Guys, does anyone else have like 0 health?
No, that's just you, Zoe.
Oh.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna get stuck here.
Oh.
Grenade! Oh, I just killed so many zombies with that. That was kind of sick. Okay, wait. I'm actually gonna get cornered here. This is not good. Oh, thank you, Nico. Wait, what's going on? What is this round?
What's going on?
Ah, guys! I'm scared!
Survive the big guys. Just run.
There's a giant guy!
Ow!
Yeah, we gotta run away from them. Go.
I gotta run.
Hey, yo.
Run!
There's only one more second. We're good.
Whew.
I'm gonna try and drive this shopping cart through a bunch of zombies.
That would have been really bad.
Take that. Okay, get me out of this thing. It's not helping at all. What? What in the mountain?
It would have been funny though.
You found it?
I think I found it right here.
I'm stuck in a corner!
Oh, we got power now.
Is the power on? Let's go!
I can finally see. Let's go.
All right.
I'm headshotting all these guys.
Make sure to conserve all of your health. There's so many zombies.
Don't worry, they're all just going into a line over here.
Bro, I lost all my items!
That took a while to search for where the power was, but we got it.
At least it's gone now. Let's go.
All right, now we unlocked all the stat stuff.
I am making so much money just killing these guys. Holy smokes.
How much money do you have?
5,360.
What?
Yeah, I'm just staying in here and I'm letting them go over.
All right.
Hello, Bougie.
I'm getting something out of the box.
Oh, now they take 2 shots to the head. Wait a second.
They got stronger.
Hold on, what? Okay, so now they take 2 headshots. What if I shotgun them? Boom. Oh, yeah, they still don't survive that. Boom. I don't have a lot of shotgun ammo, though. That's the thing. Boom. I'm just gonna use my scar for now.
Oh, yeah, this is good.
Ow.
Hey, get out of my spot. Move.
I need to get a gun.
Blocking my shots. Ah! Melts through the zombies.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
What ammo does the repeater rifle use? Probably medium bullets, right?
Probably. It shows it on the bottom right of it.
Oh, it does? Oh, heavy ammo.
Word.
Do we have any heavy bullets needed?
Heavy ammo for a rifle?
That does not sound right.
Yeah.
I got no idea. There's 5 zombies left to kill.
Where can we buy the heavy bullets?
I'm gonna go over to the mystery box once we kill these last 3. Boom. Let's go. Mystery box time.
Yeah, no, you gotta get to the mystery box.
Run.
Go.
Open up.
Uh-oh.
Oh, gosh. I got no time. I gotta defend myself while I'm opening this. Oh, I got a legacy combat assault rifle.
There's so many zombies around us.
Oh, my goodness. This thing's OP. I gotta buy medium bullets for this for sure. I'm pretty sure I could buy them around here. Wait, shadow bomb. What? I don't know if I should have used that. It's fine. I have, like, no ammo in this thing, so I'm gonna go buy some medium. Where is it at? I see it.
The medium's next to the loot box.
Boom. Give me the medium ammo.
Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna stock up on that stuff.
Not the corner again.
Does someone have a snowball launcher?
You know, I do.
That sounds awesome.
I'm opening another mystery box right now.
I'm killing all these guys. Hey, back up. Back away from us. Oh, this is satisfying.
Go away.
I just killed so many of them. Whoa, what just happened?
Whoa.
I have no idea.
That looked like a bomb.
That might have been my flare gun.
Oh, it probably was.
Ooh.
All right, I got this side. Oh, I gotta get some more ammo.
Okay, there we go.
Give me a ton of this stuff. Boom.
I got a burst assault rifle. That should be good.
I got 400 bullets now. Oh, yes, sir. Whoever wants to spawn you will die instantly. I wouldn't even try it if I were you. Hey! Yo, zombies are getting over here to me.
Uh-oh.
Is the speed trick temporary or permanent?
I don't know.
Probably temporary.
Yeah, I would guess so.
Oh gosh, there's zombies literally flooding this entire area.
Just kill them.
The difficulty is increasing.
Yeah, but we have good guns, so we can clear all of them out.
Okay, you're right.
Well, some of us do.
Zoe, what guns do you have?
I have the assault rifle.
Did you not open the mystery box?
Nope.
You gotta open the mystery box. So overpowered.
True that.
I died, remember?
You died?
Yeah, I did.
So did you spawn in the next round?
Yeah, luckily.
That's how it works. If you die, you'll spawn in the next wave of zombies.
Guys, how do we get the elevator key or the key card?
You gotta look for it.
You know, we gotta find where that is.
I'm gonna open the mystery box again. Boom. Give me a good weapon. Come on. What'd I get? Red eye assault rifle? I'll take it. Gimme. Oh!
Everyone try it. Look around for the key card.
This one's kind of sick.
I'm looking.
It does a lot of damage. Although, I'm not gonna lie, I like this one better. Oh, get me out. Oh, we're good.
There's a lot of zombies.
Yeah, there is. I just need to clear them all out with this assault rifle. Rah!
Oh boy.
Take that! Okay.
I'm in the corner.
Get out of the corner, Zoe.
I'm getting out.
You do not want to be cornered by these zombies.
There's a lot over here, Cash.
Give me some ammo. Boom. I'll help you. Where are you at?
Behind you.
Are you good?
For now.
Watch this. I'll snipe their heads. Boom. What's up?
Oh yeah, get rid of them.
Satisfying compilation. Ah!
Ooh. Oh, there's too many.
Zoe, melt them.
How do you melt them?
Uh-oh.
Grenade. grenade!
Oh yeah, grenade them. It'll work.
Did it work?
I think so.
Oh, let's go!
I kind of want a rocket launcher. I'm gonna see if I can get one.
What kind of gun is this?
Back to the mystery box we go.
The blast explosion weapons, they do a lot of damage to multiple zombies at once.
True that. Come on, give me dual suppressed pistols. You know what? I'll try it.
Bro, I'm lagging.
Nah, this thing is not good. Although if you double headshot, it kills them in like 2 hits. Boom.
Let me know if anyone finds the key or the key card.
Boom.
We're looking.
You see, I don't really have time to look for a key card because I keep getting chased by zombies. Hey!
True, same. Ah, they're gonna kill me. Let go.
Hey, yo!
Bro,
Nah, you can't die again, Zoe. That would be embarrassing.
I got killed.
Why am I frozen?
Fine.
What happened?
Oh, you died too.
Hey, what? I got frozen.
Yeah, they eat you.
Why did I get frozen?
You know, I'm not too sure.
Wait, am I the only one left?
No, we're here.
What?
You're the only one with weapons, though.
I think my game lagged. Just kill 73 zombies and we'll respawn. Okay, we are back and we have our strategy now. Just stay back here and let them all line up for us.
Works for me.
Just shoot all of them in the head. We basically have infinite ammo because if you look in the bottom left above the health, we have a bunch of perks and one of them is the fastest reload ever. I basically never have to reload. It is so sick.
Lucky.
I can just keep grinding out these zombies. Back up. And we gotta protect Nico.
Protect me, guys.
I think the last round glitched, which is why I died. I just like randomly froze for some reason.
Yeah, that might have been it.
Yeah, definitely. All these zombies are getting so easy to kill. Holy smokes.
I know, right?
Mr. Peanut is all the way out there fighting them while we're just staying in this back room really doing nothing.
Yeah, he's kind of crazy for that.
I do want a better weapon though. And the mystery box is not in the middle anymore. I'm going to get some more ammo.
Where did it go?
I don't know. It must be behind one of the doors. Give me some ammo. Let's go. All right, I'm done. I'm coming back. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm here. Yo, Zoe, what are you doing?
I was reloading.
You is not protecting.
Hey, I was trying my best.
You need infinite reload.
I need to get it.
Yeah, it's really OP. I could just stay back here and spray and pray. That's all I really have to do.
Oh, that is overpowered.
Also, the double damage kills them so quickly. I'm not even gonna run through any of these weapons.
I need to go get it.
All right, more zombies to kill. Nico, you good back there?
I'm thinking.
All right, you figuring out how to get the key card yet?
I'm trying to figure it out.
All right, Bougie. I'm getting so much money. I literally have 17,000. After this round is over, I'm gonna buy some more ammo real quick. 2 zombies. All right, speed run. Ammo. I have to go protect Nico. Go.
Go, go, go.
Boom. All right, we're good. I got the ammo.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Is Nico good over there?
I think I know where it is.
There's a weird monster.
All right, go for it, Nico. Go for it. I'm gonna stay back here and keep grinding out zombies.
It's on the floor somewhere.
It's on the floor.
Yeah.
What?
We'll look on the floor.
Really?
Does it look like a key card?
It looks like a key. We have to find a key.
Key on the floor. All right, well, it's time to look.
So search the map.
I'm searching.
There are different monsters now.
Wait, I found it.
You found it?
What? Yep.
Really?
Where is it?
It was just on the floor over here.
Okay, we'll use it to open the door. Come over here.
All right, I'm going.
I think it's this door.
Protect me.
That door right there, that door. No, this one.
Won't open. Move. I literally picked up the key.
Open the door.
What in the mountain?
What?
It's over here.
What, Martin?
It's on the floor. See? I picked it up. Get away from me, zombies. I'm trying to figure this out. See it right here, Nico?
I do not see it.
Oh, what?
Oh, I see it.
It was a key. Now, which door do we open with it?
Let's try every single door.
Uh-oh. We gotta run. There's some explodey zombies over here.
Run.
I drank a quick revive. So if y'all need to be revived, I got you.
You know, I'm gonna do the same thing.
Hey, yo! That guy got close.
I got all my perks maxed out. Do you got that too?
What do you mean maxed out? How do you max them out?
Oh, run for your life.
No, I mean, I do all the perks collected.
Yeah. I have the key card.
Try this elevator right here.
Oh, true. I'll go try the elevator. Move it, zombies. Move it.
Try everything.
I need to go try this key on something. No, it didn't work on that. So what was the key for?
I don't know.
I guess we'll never know.
Hey, yo.
Wait, look. I found the key card. I opened the locker.
What?
Oh.
What's in there?
I got it. Now it's time to open that door. Go.
Oh gosh, okay.
Go, run, Nico, run.
I think the key was for the locker.
Oh, that makes sense.
All right, and then now I can insert the key card.
Yeah!
Let's go! New section.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm running.
Yeah, there might not be a good spot in here. Wait a second. Upgrade weapon? Guys, you can upgrade your weapons here.
Wait, really?
Look at this.
No way.
Wait, pick up fuse. I got a fuse for something.
I think I want to make my weapons a little bit better. Where's the mystery box?
Yeah, we gotta look for it. It's not in the middle anymore. The mystery box has gotta be around here somewhere. Mystery box, hello?
I hope it's not gone forever.
I honestly might upgrade my pistol because that thing has been good.
Buy boombox. Oh, there's boomboxes here. Oh, here's the mystery box. Look, Mr. Peanut found it.
Oh, yes.
Give me something good. Come on. No! How do I get 2 teddy bears in a row?
Wait, what?
Okay.
Oh, and it's gone.
It might be back in the center though. Let's just check. Are you kidding me, bruh?
Nah, you cursed us with bad luck.
Yeah, but at least it's back here now. All right, back away from me, zombies. I'm trying to open a mystery box here. I really don't appreciate you trying to kill me. It's not cool at all. What'd I get?
I'll watch, kinda.
A ray gun? Guys, I got a... Wait.
Is that overpowered?
It didn't pick it up. It didn't even pick up the ray gun.
What do you mean it didn't pick it up?
A teddy bear again!
Bruh.
Why does that keep happening? That's the third teddy bear we've gotten.
You are just unlucky.
Oh my goodness. It's probably back in the workshop.
It's not even over here.
Word.
Well, we lost it forever.
Are you for serious right now, bruh? First of all, I don't get my ray gun. Then I get my third teddy bear.
I think inside this room we need to find the elevator key, guys. So everyone, try and find the elevator key.
All right, hold on. I'm killing zombies.
Okay.
There's only a few left. Elevator key.
Wait, guys.
Gotta be on the floor.
We could put in our fuses in here to upgrade our weapons. I think you already said that.
Let me try it. Upgrade. I have 10,000. Why is it not letting me upgrade? Hello?
It says you're broke.
Oh, wait. Upgraded my pistol.
Oh.
Yo, look at this thing now. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yes.
My pistol's like a machine gun now. Oh, okay, yeah, this is OP. Holy smokes. This thing's awesome. Let's go. Back away, zombies. You ain't getting a piece of me. Oh, I found the mystery box.
Oh, boy.
It's next to the freezers.
Let's go. We'll open that thing.
All right, give me something good. A ray gun. Yes.
Grab it.
Oh.
I'm opening mine.
This thing has infinite ammo, but it overheats.
I got a score.
Is that good or bad?
Actually, never mind. A suppressed assault rifle, which I think is better.
The ray gun is not really that good. It's kind of buns.
Oh, is it really?
But I'm using it. I'm using it. Wait, what is this on the floor? Burst pulse rifle. I mean, I'll take it. Why not?
I dropped that. That's my gun.
Ooh, use it.
I want it. Move away, zombies. I want that gun. I don't think it's on the floor anymore.
I got the teddy bear.
That's not a good thing, Zoe.
What? But it's kind of cute.
Okay, the mystery box is in the middle again.
Oh.
Back away, zombers. Move it. All right, no one attack me while I'm opening this, please. I'm just trying to live my life. I don't appreciate this at all.
Wait, guys.
Another ray gun? I don't want it.
We can call the elevator now.
I'll take it.
What does that do?
Wait, we can?
Oh, it gives you the mod bench.
Oh, that's like Pack-a-Punch. It upgrades your weapon.
Okay, I'm gonna try and use the mod bench.
What is this thing?
All right, try it out. I'm killing as many. Whoa, what is going on? Everything's getting lightning striked.
Whoa! I got a cool gun.
I'm gonna get rid of this ray gun because it's really not that good. It sounds like it would be awesome, but it's not. Another teddy bear, really?
I got something called a plasma cannon.
Really bougie.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, well,
The best weapons to get are the explosives.
the mystery box will probably be over here. Nope, I guessed wrong. Well, it's somewhere. I know that for sure. Ultra damage. Put in fuse. Okay, boom.
Uh-oh.
I put in my fuse, and now let me do ultra damage on this. Wait, you need 25,000 for it.
Oh, and I disintegrated.
It's time to grind for 25,000 then.
Uh-oh.
What do you want to tell me, Mr. Peanut? What is it? What? Oh, there's a key right here. Can we pick it up? I can't pick it up.
That could probably be used to open the door.
Try and use it on the door. I'm gonna try and get a better weapon before I upgrade it.
Yeah, is there any weapons on the floor? I just died.
Nah, bro died. You his buns.
Hey, I was trying to do something.
Where's the mystery box?
I think it's gone again.
Well, it's somewhere around here. Maybe it's in the back.
Ow! I'm stuck in a corner!
Zoe?
Oh, gosh.
Whoa. Mod bench. That is cool looking. All right, I'm just gonna stay back here and get all these zombies shredded down. This might not be a great spot to stand in, though, because they're getting kind of close. And my weapon is not good enough. I need something better than a burst.
Run, run, run.
Mystery box, I really need you right now. What in the Meebo? Hey, get me out of here. Stop hitting me with those projectiles. I don't like it.
Oh, the mystery box is over here.
Where at?
Next to me and the peanut.
All right, I'm on my way. Uh-oh, that's a dead end. Yo, there's so many zombies here. There's only a few more. Kill them, kill them.
Okay.
Guys, kill 2 zombies. Oh my goodness.
I killed
I was trying to run over here. All right, come on. I'm trading in my ray gun.
him. Ooh.
Legendary combat assault rifle.
I want to go.
Oh, this is goated. I'm gonna pack-a-punch this item. Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, I got the teddy bear.
Oh, no, 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 no!
Did you die again?
Yes!
Nah.
I think you have to reset your perks as well.
Yeah, of course it does.
Yeah, you do.
Oh gosh, I think I'm glitched. Oh no.
Uh-oh. Nico died. That is not good.
Do not die.
Uh-oh.
All right, I'll try not to.
Guys, I'm in an infinite death loop right now.
Nah.
I will try to help you.
Where are these zombies at? I'm trying to get to 25k here, guys. If you could hurry up and start attacking me more often, that would be nice.
They're all next to Nico.
I never thought I'd ask a zombie to attack me. 23k, I'm getting close. I'm almost there. Oh, I need to find a crowd of these guys. Where's Nico at?
Guys, I legitimately can't move.
He's at the spawn.
Oh, he's that way.
I'm shooting at nothing right now.
All right.
Bro, it's a glitch.
I'm gonna go kill all the zombies around Nico. Die! Yes! Satisfying.
Am I shooting?
You are. Okay, it's time to go see if I can pack a punch. I'm literally like 2,000 coins away. So that means I'm almost there. Yes, I have enough now. All right.
Ow!
Ultra damage on this weapon. Boom. Oh my goodness, I one-shot every zombie now. That's how good this assault rifle is.
Okay, that's overpowered.
Do you hear what it sounds like too?
I can. It sounds so cool.
It sounds different now.
It's like a bam.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna go back to my spot and see if I can just camp here and just shoot any zombies that try and come in. If I die, then I die.
True.
They can try and come through the door. It's not gonna work. Guys, I'm kind of just camping the zombies right now.
I'm also kind of camping.
You guys should come in here with me.
Where are you?
The back room where the elevator is.
Okay, I'll get there.
This is the strat. Trust me. Stand on this side, Zoe.
Okay, here's the strategy.
And just shoot them as they come in. I wouldn't stand behind me. I don't know if that's a great idea. Come on, let's go. Round 30, here we come.
Go, go, go. We're almost there.
Yeah. All right, now when the round ends, everyone just go get some medium ammo and then come back here.
Sounds like a plan.
It's the strat. Look at them. They can't even get through it. That's how goated we are.
Okay, this is crazy.
That's what I'm saying.
Get rid of the zombies!
Yo, they're not even getting close.
They can barely get in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is like a whole satisfying compilation right now. Let's go. Ammo time.
Run!
Run, 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 run.
Go, 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 go!
Get the ammo. Get the ammo.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Wait, why is it flooding?
Whoa, is it flooding?
Why is it flooding in here?
Ow.
Well, what do we do? What do we do?
Do we run?
I don't know.
I don't know what to do.
The zombies are frozen. Is anyone else seeing this?
I see it.
Hey, yo. I'm going back to my spot.
Oh, the water's gone.
And now we're back to regular programming.
Let's go.
Oh, yes, sir. Get melted, zombies. You're not doing anything against me right now. See, even if they try and walk through the doorway, they can't.
Oh, yeah, now they're gone.
That's what I'm saying. This is like a laser gun right now. Yo. Give me some more of that ammo. Oh, now we got exploding zombies.
Oh, boy.
They're coming back. That's not good. I'm gonna open the mystery box.
Oh, ow!
Oh, no, Zoe.
That hurt.
Infantry rifle. I'll take that, sure. Ooh, even this thing's OP. Oh my goodness. The infantry rifle does so much damage.
I know, right?
I think I'm just gonna stay back here now. This is my new strat.
Yeah, I like it back here.
Yeah, this is chilling. Anybody that tries to attack me will get demolished. I could even body shot with this weapon and it kills them in one hit.
Okay.
I'll help you, Mr. Peanut. I got you.
Yeah, we need some help over here.
I got you. I'm killing all of the ones I see. This is one of the quickest rounds. We're only at 50 zombies already.
I know, right?
Holy smokes. 30, 20.
Get rid of the zombies.
The Peanut's got a minigun. He's melting those guys. Look.
Ooh, okay.
Let's go. Move it. I gotta try the mystery box again. Where's it at? Aha. Here it is. I want a minigun. Give me minigun. Give me another infantry rifle. I do not need that. I want a minigun. Let's open it again. Boom. Kill zombies in the meantime. Why not?
Get the money.
Sure thing.
No.
Oh, you gotta check behind, Zoe.
That's why I was taking damage.
What is this? Ranger assault rifle? I don't need that. I already have 2 assault rifles. Zoe, you gotta check behind.
I'm checking behind.
We got a good strategy going here. They ain't gonna do nothing.
There's 2 checking behind.
Here, I'll check the front.
Okay.
You guys worry about the 2 back sides.
You check that one, Peanut.
I think we got the teddy bear in the mystery box, unfortunately.
Oh.
We must look for it again, wherever it is. It's over here. Protect the mystery box.
Protect it.
I'll stand right here. You guys need to get this side door.
I'll get this one. Ooh.
Hey, protect the side.
I'm getting it. Ow.
What's going on?
There's one behind me.
What? Let's go. This is a good strategy. We all just covered different areas.
Yeah, we just gotta lock in.
Whoa, what was that? The Peanut just died.
Oh, no.
What just happened? All right, Zoe, just cover that side. Keep going.
Okay, I'll try.
I think we can survive, just the 2 of us. Nico and the Peanut are now gone.
Are you sure we can survive?
Yeah, we got this. Look, there's just 8 zombies left. Mystery box time.
Okay, we got this.
Come on.
Lock in.
I need to get some medium ammo as well.
Oh, I need that too.
Oh, I got a purple assault rifle. What?
Is it pretty?
It is pretty. All right, Zoe, watch out.
Ooh. Ah!
Don't worry. The ray gun's kind of buns. I wouldn't use it if I were you.
Yeah, I got rid of it.
Hey, Zoe, you need to protect me.
I'm protecting.
Thank you.
They are getting a lot stronger.
Yeah, they are. You gotta get an infantry rifle. That thing's goated. Did you upgrade your weapons yet?
Ooh. I have one of them upgraded.
I think it upgrades all of them, to be honest.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I did it in the storage room.
Okay, bougie.
Okay, bougie. Yo, look, the Peanut's bringing zombies over there.
W Peanut.
Let's go. We could grind them out. Okay, this is so satisfying.
I know, right?
I'm literally just grinding through all these zombies right now.
Grab them.
If I could buy medium ammo infinitely, then I don't think we're ever losing.
Oh, what's that?
I got no idea.
It was like an explosion.
Hey, I'm getting attacked. Help me.
I'm trying.
Oh, medium ammo time.
Oh, we're good.
And mystery box time. Come on, give me something good.
I'm gonna upgrade some more.
Don't worry, I'm still protecting this side. Let's see what we got. What we got? Legendary combat assault rifle. Yeah, I already have one of these. Hey, Zoe!
I'm coming back.
You're not protecting.
I said I was gonna get something.
I'm alone over here.
Uh-oh. He's alone.
Nah. Okay, we're good.
Okay, I'm back.
Just keep grinding out the zombies.
Will do. Oh, they have no chance.
The infantry rifle literally wastes no bullets, and it kills them so quickly.
I know, right?
This is the strat. Zoe, move!
Oh, I'm sorry.
There we go.
Okay, I need to get ammo.
I would use the infantry rifle because it doesn't waste ammo.
Oh.
You gotta upgrade it, though.
I do not have one of those. Oh, we got the teddy bear.
Nah.
Bruh.
We might have to move locations.
Yeah, good idea. What was that?
What was what?
There was like a little explosion.
Zoe, why am I taking damage?
You're getting in the way of the zombies.
Oh my goodness, I'm so low.
The zombies were going behind you.
You gotta kill them before they get to me.
Hey, I'm trying.
Oh jeez, oh jeez. All right, just run through. We gotta find the next mystery box. Let's go.
Okay.
Just go through.
Ow, these hurt.
Shoot anything in front of you. Run.
Okay.
Run.
Go.
Mystery box, hello. Where is it?
Where are you?
Is it around? Oh, it's right there.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, how are we gonna protect this now?
This is a bad spot.
Yeah, this is a very bad spot. I'm not gonna lie. They spawn like literally right on top of us.
Oh, gosh.
Oh gosh, Zoe.
I don't know what to do.
Zoe, we might have to go back to the back room. Go to the back room.
Go back to the back room.
Back room, back room. They're not making it through here.
I do not not have a lot of ammo.
I have a ton of ammo. I got 850.
Oh, lucky.
Okay.
Hey, go.
Go get some ammo. I'm gonna buy the mystery box.
Already ahead of you.
Oh gosh, really? They spawn so quickly. Back away.
Ow!
Dual suppressed pistols?
Jeez.
This is whack.
That is not worth it.
Alright, I'm back in this room.
Me too.
Yeah, I'm just shredding through these guys now. Holy smokes. They're not even getting close.
How are we doing this?
I'm literally just keeping my mouse still and I'm shooting in the same spot. Holy smokes, look at this.
These are so much.
We've done so much damage.
You know, right?
They can try and make it through. They will not succeed.
Yeah, they keep on fumbling.
Let's go.
Go.
Medium ammo time. Medium.
We gotta grab the ammo.
Go. And now we run.
Get as much as you can.
All right, Zoe, I say we stay in this old spot again.
Yeah, honestly, this is a better spot.
We kill the zombies so much faster.
We really do.
Just don't let them get close to me.
Wait, let me get over here.
You gotta stand back, Zoe.
Ooh. Ow!
Nah.
They be eating me.
Yeah, we definitely kill way more zombies like this. Look at how fast this round is.
I know, right?
Holy smokes.
Is it just the two of us now?
Yeah, it is.
That is not good.
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
9 zombies, 5 already.
Come on.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
I don't think our strat is beatable.
You know, right?
Wait, there's smoke zombies now. Look at this. Are they farting?
Oh gosh, what do we do with that?
Stink zombies, ew.
Ew!
They farting over there. I can't see anything.
That is nasty! Oh gosh.
I can't see. Where
Where are they?
I don't know.
This is really bad.
Yeah, it is definitely getting a little harder now.
A little?
A lot harder.
Thank you.
Ew, fart zombie. Gross.
Ew.
Ew.
I can't see anymore.
I can't see nothing.
Ow, I'm taking damage. What?
Nah. Oh, I'm taking damage too. Oh no.
Ah, I'm dying.
Oh no, it's the farts. It's the farts. No! Zoe's dead. Zoe's gone. Oh gosh, they're backing me into a corner. They're backing me up. I gotta run. Get away. Back away. Back away. Back away. All of yous. All of yous. I'm not going down without a fight. You'll never get the best of me. Yeah, what's up? What's up? That hurt? Oh, I know it hurted. I know that hurted, y'all. Boom. Zoe, I will win this for us.
You got this.
I don't know if I'm gonna do this alone. Back away. Back away from me. Stinky zombies. Stinky. Oh! Whoa. Stinky. I don't like them. Stinky. What? Hey, get away. Where they at? Oh, they're gone now. Well, I'm alone in this grocery store on round 41. I'm not really sure what to do now, but I'm just gonna run. Get away from me, stinkers. The stinker zombies are near me. Back up. I'm gonna make a very large train of these guys. And then run around like that. Oh, juke. That was kind of sick. Yeah, let's see you guys try and follow me. Ain't gonna happen. All right, once I make a large train like this, I'm gonna see them all coming down the middle like that. Come back around here. Yes, this way. Oh gosh. And then I just let it unload on them. Oh! Okay, and then I run this way. And then I let it unload again. All right, then I run this way. Oh gosh. Ouch. Ouchie. That hurts a lot. Back away from me. Ouch. It hurts a lot. Oh no. The stinkers are here. Back away from me, stinkers. Get away. Yo, I'm stuck on a wall. No, I'm in a corner. Get me out. Oh no. This might be the end. It very well might be my last few words. Unless I kill all these zombies beforehand. I ain't going down without a fight. Who do you think I am? A coward. I'm not. Because I will kill all the zombies. Oh, I did it. But for what cost? Now I'm just dying to farts. Goodbye, cruel world. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am to play this game. So apparently there's this new horror game that watches you, and if you blink in real life, the monster gets closer. I'm not even kidding. Like, it literally uses your webcam and watches your eyes the entire time. Now, the only problem is I'm using this webcam to record, so that's why I brought my secret agent. I got a second webcam. Oh, I'm spilling stuff. Now, where do I set this thing up? Shoot. I should have thought about this more. Okay, I think we got everything working. Now, let me click play. Warning! This game contains disturbing, violent imagery, depictions of suicide, loud noises, and jump scares. Please proceed with caution. You got that, guys? This game uses your webcam to detect when you blink. No webcam data is recorded or saved. Why do I feel like they're lying? They're gonna have the FBI on me, bro. Okay, let's click use webcam. I need to switch it. Okay, no, that's no. Oh! Hello there. Wait a second. Wait. This is kind of weird. Hello there. Can you see my eyes clearly? Oh, this is a horrifying angle. Okay, hold on. Martin? Hello? Oh. Okay, this has got to be good enough, right? Setting up blink detection. This may take a while. Do I have to look at the camera or like I'm looking at 2 cameras now? How long is this process gonna take? Oh, after pressing begin, blink a few times towards the screen. Okay, let me lock in. Oh. Yo. Wait, it's already doing it. Okay, blink towards screen. Oh my, bro. Oh my, wait. This is so weird. Blink to fill in the boxes. What? This is actually weird. How many blinks were registered? The right amount. Calibration, okay, close your eyes to begin. I'm closing my eyes. I can't see nothing. Oh, there we go. Guys, this is legendary. I've never played a game like this before. Holy, okay. Why are my eyes closed? Like, this is weird. I gotta lock in because every time I blink, it's gonna kill me in game. So I need to like have a staring contest. My eyes are gonna be so red after this. All right. Oh, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try not to blink too much because I feel like it'll ruin it for y'all. Wait, how do I go down more floors? Okay, I'm not gonna blink, bro. Okay, vigil. Hello. Oh, it's weird. I keep forgetting whenever I blink, it actually makes the screen go black. Please keep your eyes open. I'm keeping my... Oh, there we go. Access granted. Wait, I gotta, like, ready myself up. I gotta blink as much as possible right now. Why can I not see anything? Hello? Press E. Oh. Oh, hello.
Hello, employee number 157.
Hi.
And welcome to Vigil Incorporated,
Are you speaking?
where your vision is our mission.
Okay.
You will be working in disposal. You must collect waste from the depot and bring it to the incinerator in Section A.
Okay. Bring it from there.
Remember, repeat this task until told otherwise. You may leave for the day once you have completed all of your tasks.
Got it. So I get waste from this section and bring it to Section A. Incinerate boxes. Collect boxes in the depot and incinerate them. Oh. Oh, wait, that's easy. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me lock in. You can't just put a basketball here and then tell me not to... Oh, how do I throw you? Yeah. Oh, I'm buns. This is like Phasmophobia when you got the... There we go. Oh, we got one. I just got an achievement saying you are my sunshine. Is that a LeBron reference? Okay, hold on. Let me lock in with these boxes. I need to stop stalling so much. Oh, God, there's a bloody paper. Wait a second. What does that say? If you see him, do not blink. Do not look away. He is fast. Who's fast? Okay, don't blink and don't look away if I see him. So I just have to stare him in the eyes? Who is him? Scan my eyes. My eyes are open. Martin, let's go. Oh my God, wait, I'm actually a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. Let me just incinerate this box. Is this the incinerator right here? It looks like it. Okay, I believe I just put you in there. Oh, wait, how do I just toss you? Am I supposed to throw the... I'm getting a call right now. Do I throw you in there? I missed. Wait, no, I got it. Okay, and how do I close it now? Oh, wait. Oh, wait, do I just leave the door open? Huh. Okay, well, that's one box incinerated. It said to just keep doing that over and over, but I kind of want to see what's in here. Hello? Hi, Martin. What? Hey, open up right now. Lordy. Okay, I'm guessing I can't access these yet until I do more boxes, huh? Yeah. Fine, I'm gonna go back to Section A and get more boxes then. Let's go. Who's knocking on the door? I'm not gonna blink. Okay, I'm just gonna go back. I need to get my blinks in before he kills me. Bro, I swear, if my eyes are watery because of this and then he appears, he's gonna make my eye vision hurt. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm sweating in real life right now. Open up. I hear something over there. Go. Who is that? Is that him? I don't know if I see him. Did you guys just see that? Oh my God. Okay. I need to chill with the blinking. I don't know why I'm blinking right now. Just toss that in there. Incinerate. Okay. Hello? What if I blink again? Oh my God. Like a light shows. This is actually terrifying. Oh my God. I even feel like I can't blink. Uh-oh. Open up. Get me out of here. I hear something back there. I'm scared. I think I can blink over here. It's safe.
Employee number 157.
Is that me?
There's a special delivery that you must dispose of in the nest.
What is the nest, bro?
The nest can be found in Section B.
Okay.
Unexpected movement has been detected in Section B, so be careful.
I don't know what that means. What do you mean undetected movement in Section B? I don't want to go to Section B. That's where I hear all the scary sounds. Okay, go to the nest in Section B and incinerate the box you find there. It's time to not blink for a solid minute. I feel like if I blink in this section, I'm... Oh. Hello? I'm trying to open my eyes for you. Okay. Lock in. Don't blink. Nest. Okay, nest is this way. Is this where I'm being watched from? Oh my God. Okay, so I can't look away and I can't blink. I just blinked. What is that? I don't know why that freaked me out for a second. All right. Open up. Here we go. Oh God. Oh my God. Inbound. What is that? Where is the thing I'm supposed to incinerate? Is this it? Oh my gosh, I have to blink. Oh God. Okay. Open up. I think this is where the thing is. Special delivery. My eyes are starting to water, guys. Where's the box? Hello? Wait. I'm not blinking. My eyes are watering. Oh my gosh. I just blinked. Guys, my eyes are literally watering. Do you see this? Okay. Let's pick up the box and let's go. I don't want to blink right now because I'm terrified. Open up. I need to blink. I need to blink right now, game. I need to blink. Oh my gosh. Get me out of here. Get me out of here so I can blink freely, bro. I swear, if I hear something and I die, I'm going to be so angry right now. Open up. Okay, this is actually so much harder than I expected. I'm going the wrong way. I gotta go incinerate in section A. Dude, why am I hearing sounds next to me? I'm scared right now. I'm so scared right now. Okay. Oh, I feel like I can blink freely now. Holy smokes. There we go. Oh, I'm not even kidding. My eyes were literally watering so hard right there. That was like actually terrifying.
Employee number 157.
What?
Please continue disposing of waste from the depot.
Okay, I got you. I'm going, Martin. All right, I'm just gonna consider this area as my safe area to blink. Let's keep our eyes open for like as long as we can. But as long as I can keep doing my tasks over here, that's fine. Open up. Thank you. Okay, let's incinerate you. Kobe. Yup, done. Lock in, we go to the next one. Open up. Oh. Perfect, thank you. Oh god, where's the lights? Where's the lights? No.
Apologies about the lights. Employee number 157, please make your way to the generator in section C.
Section C? Where is section C?
Stay vigilant.
No, I don't want to go to the generator in section C. That's where the monster probably is. Okay, I'm gonna get my blinks in right now. Find the generator in section B and turn on the power. Wait, what do you mean section B? It just said... Hello? Is somebody there? Somebody's there. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So you're just gonna follow. Oh, dude, what do I do? Where am I? Oh god, he moves closer. Okay, I literally cannot blink whatsoever right now. If there's more than one of you... Oh, I accidentally blinked. Oh my god, get away from me. Get away. Okay. Oh, why are there dead ends everywhere? Why are there dead ends? I'm trying to get past you right now, buddy, and I'm not... Where's the hallway? Is it right there? Okay, section C is that way. I'm gonna go this way, buddy. I'll see you later, okay? Oh my god. Wait, that's section C right there. Okay, you get away from me. I hear you walking. I'm gonna blink. Oh my god, why did I do that? Okay, where's the power? No! What do I do? I need to get him away from me. Okay, you know what? Here's the strat. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna lead you very far away from me so I can go. Where do I turn on the power in there? I don't know where the power switch is. Okay, I'm gonna lead you back this way, okay? Oh my gosh, you got close fast. Yo, I literally blinked twice. I blinked twice and you got that far ahead. Okay, get away from me. Now I'm gonna just keep my eyes on him. And I need to go into section C and turn on the power. Where's the power button? Is it this way? Don't you dare. I hear your footsteps, you bloody. Oh my gosh, where am I supposed to go? What? Oh, you're right there. Oh man, what do I do? Okay, blinking is really bad, guys. I feel like, wait, generator. I see generator. Oh wait, no, generator's that way? Hey, you back up, buddy. All right, you know what? Actually, come this way. Yeah, come this way. Let's go. Oh, all right, come back over here. Okay, right there is good. Now I'm gonna just scoot on past you, making sure not to blink. If I blink right here, I'm so dead. Oh my gosh. Okay, generator is this way, I think. I'm trying. Oh god. Go. Where's the generator? Open. I need to blink so bad. Oh my god, I'm safe. Oh my god. Oh, my eyes are watering, bro. That was literally terrifying. Bro, I hate these things. Okay. Why is there a dead body right here? Wait, what happened to them? Oh my gosh. This game is so much harder than I expected. Now, where's this generator at, bro? This is a vending machine. Wait, what? I watched one of them die. Same face as me, same hands. He begged me. I didn't open the door. The generator is that way, so why did I go in here? Is this just like a little safe room? I guess it is. Okay, lock in. We don't blink for the next minute. You hear me? Keep your eyes open. Let's go. All right, where's he at? Oh, he's still right there. Okay, it's fine. As long as I don't blink, I should be chilling. Where's the generator? It's this way. Eesh. Oh, you are weird, buddy. Oh, generator is that way. Oh god, go. I'm blinking, buddy. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. Okay, generator. I see the arrow. He's following me. Where's the generator? Oh, it's right here. Lock in. Open. Ah, nice try, Martin. You ain't gonna catch me though. Open up. Yes. Wait. I feel like, oh, this is not safe. Oh, I hear him. Where are you, dude? No. I'm a blink. Get away from me. Oh god, where's the generator, bro? Okay, I'm gonna just follow these arrows. Okay, now it goes to the right. Oh god, it goes this way. Why is this generator so hard to find? It's this way. Oh, here we go. Go. Lock in. Open up. Oh god. Okay, I'm alive. Aha, I made it. Wait, what is this place? Labor model VL4R. Huh, so that's the thing that's attacking me? I don't understand. This place is ginormous. Okay, so how do I turn the power back on? Do I open this up? Lock in. There we go. Oh, no, I don't want to. No, I don't want. That's a long hallway. Oh, there's a note. Yo, gang, I ain't reading all that. Okay, it looks like it's just notes about this thing that's attacking me. Containment failed. Yeah, obviously. It's chasing me around. You can't contain that thing? Oh, wait, there's an arrow that says generator right here. Okay, I need to go back out into the hallway. I'll be right back. Thanks for the safe room. It was very much appreciated, but I feel like I'm in danger again now. As long as he's not, like, within 5 feet, I think I can blink without dying, but I'm gonna keep it minimal just in case. Oh, wait a second. What? Why are you over there? I can blink. What you gonna do about it? I'm blinking. He's scared of me. He ain't gonna do nothing. Okay, I think I go this way. Yep, still following the generator arrows. Bro, why do you have to put it so far away? I think it's this way, right? Ah, finally. Now, is this actually gonna be the generator, or is it just gonna be another safe room? That's my question. Oh, there we go. Oh my, no, this is not a generator. There's dead bodies hanging from the ceiling, bro. You know what? I would worry about this, but I'm just worried about turning on the power so I don't get chased. I really hope he doesn't catch me at a bad time right now, because if my eyes are watering, I'm cooked. Oh, are we doing it? Yes, we're turning on the generator. Finally. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh, I'm not blinking. I'm not blinking. I was not blinking. Hey, that's unfair. Okay, I can't look away at my phone. What am I looking at? What in the world? Don't tell me I just got dropped through the fan, bro. What did I do wrong? Wait, I can blink right now. Oh, no, I can't. Never mind. Oh! Is that me? Did I just collect into the pile of bodies, bro? You have got to be kidding me. I'm hearing sounds, but I'm not really sure what's going on. My screen's black.
Hello, employee number 158.
Wait, what? I thought I was 157. Am I a new employee? Wait, and we beat it? That was cool and all, but I gotta see what happens if I get jump scared by him. I'm gonna go back into those tunnels and just blink at him when I see him. I'll be right back. Okay, wait, I see him right here. What if I blink at the glass multiple times? Does he do anything? I don't think he does. Oh, no. Okay, so he can't kill you right there. It's good to know that now. I was tweaking earlier. Okay, wait, I hear him over here. Where you at, buddy? I'm trying to get you to jump at me. I might have to wait for the lights to be off. Wait, what if I blink at this thing? I'm kind of curious. Little monster in the box? Little monster, I'm gonna blink at you. Come on, pop out at me. Pop out at me. Where you at? Hello? Wait, where's the box? Oh. I'm gonna blink at you. I'm gonna blink at you. Oh. I think I did something bad. Oh, you don't even scare me. Okay. So you're not even dangerous then. Alright, now the lights have gone out. Finally, now where you at, buddy? You over this way? I hear you. Hi. Oh my goodness, you still kind of scared me. Alright, I'm gonna blink at him. Prepare your booties. Don't poop yourself. Yeah. Oh, you are close. Oh, you are very close. Wait, can I just go through him? Oh! Okay. Well, found out what happens. I'm closing my eyes to retry, but I think the game's bugged. Oh, there we go. Hey, buddy, you know I'm not scared of you anymore, okay? I've seen you already jump scare me. I'm not even scared. Well, anyways, that's all there is to this game, Vigil. It was a pretty short game, but that's what they said. I really hope they make another one of these and make it longer, because that was really fun. But anyways, if you guys want to watch more videos like this, click one on your screen here, and please subscribe. I'm really trying to hit 1 million on this channel. I love horror games, and I'm sorry for being gone for so long, but we're officially back. Told you guys. Either way, I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Today, we completed the game of life, where you have to spin a wheel and try and get the highest number possible. Once you make it to the end, it counts up who has the most money and who has the most attributes, like love, knowledge, and experience. And whoever has the most of everything wins the entire game. All right, this is the game of life. It's all 4 of us up against each other.
Let's go.
Why are you all skateboards?
I am bopping right now.
First, let's decide who plays first. Cash, Shady, Zoe, or Mia. It's gonna be...
Y'all know I'm lucky. Dude, what? What's it going to be?
No!
Woohoo! Cash is 4th.
Okay, really, bruh?
Let's go.
Well, it's Shady's turn.
This time, it's not about the money. It's just about who you choose to be.
He can either go to college or get a career now and earn his salary sooner. Which one are you gonna pick?
I think I'm gonna go to college.
Okay. Boys go to college to get more knowledge.
Girls go to Jupiter to get more stupider.
Now you gotta spin the wheel. And you got... Did you just get a 1? Wait, what?
Wait, what just happened?
Nah, I double spin for you. What is going on?
How do I spin it? Oh, I just click space. I see.
Oh.
Ooh, 8.
Dang, you got 8.
We moving, chat.
Okay. Bro went to college and then went 8 spaces. Oh, he got stopped though.
He graduated?
Ain't no way.
It's that bad?
I have the most knowledge. Take it. Let's go.
Wow. He's already got a head start. I feel like that's a W way to go. What are you going to become?
There are 3 levels of education. Career, college, master's degree.
Oh.
Ooh, robotics engineer.
Do you want to be a film director or robotics engineer?
Yo, those taxes are OD.
That is crazy.
What? I'm bringing home 10K?
That's nuts.
What? I guess I'll be a film director then. Bro, what?
Yeah, I feel like I would do that too. Okay, your lucky number's 2, so you're trying to hit that now. Oh,
my, that was actually so close.
Oh, would have been lucky.
you were so close. Now, do you want to get a rare comic book or get guitar lessons? Minus 100K.
Get the comic book.
Yeah, that's a Mia type of thing.
It goes up with time. Hold on to it.
Is it actually?
Oh, yeah.
Bet.
No way. Mia's just a collector. All right, now it's Zoe's turn.
Let's go.
Go, Zoe!
Let's see if she gets as lucky.
Okay, do I go to college or career? I'm gonna go career.
Okay.
Ooh.
Are you going to be a pet groomer or a video blogger?
You know what? I guess I gotta do pet groomer.
True, they both made the same amount of money technically. Your lucky number's 8.
They do not make a lot of money.
Oh, what happens if you get Shady's lucky number?
What?
No way.
What?
No way. You just got an extra 50K.
I'm not gonna lie, Zoe's definitely gonna win this with her like random luck. Like, what is that?
Dude.
No, for real.
Yo, what?
What?
What is going on?
No, maybe she'll have a kid.
Fate, billionaire.
She got a house.
How do I spin it?
Click space.
Oh, I've been trying to spin it actually. Huh.
Taxes!
Ah.
Bro got taxed.
So I gained money and then I lost it. Girl math, honestly.
Well, you only lost 40K. You're chilling.
No, because I got 50, so that, you know,
Yeah.
I'm still up.
All right, guys, let's get it.
All right, Mia, college or career?
I'm doing career. Gotta make money first.
Yeah, Zoe did career.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yo, you better bring home 10K with that pet groomer, bro.
Nah.
Top star.
I'm going pet groomer.
Martin?
Lucky number 10.
Guys, I'm playing the long game, all right?
Dude, why do you guys get the good lucky numbers, bro? I got 2.
Yeah, I don't know.
I like my number.
Okay, and Mia just made 50K.
I got an action.
Wow.
Oh.
Throw a party, mow the neighbor's lawn.
Wait, obviously mow the neighbor's lawn. You get money for that.
Watch this, I'm about to get 80K for it.
Ain't no way, boy.
All on black. Oh my gosh.
What?
Yes, sir.
Y'all's luck is crazy. I'm going to college.
You enjoy that.
He's going to college. He's gonna get knowledge.
Going to college to get more knowledge. It costed 100K, but it's okay. Let's spin.
Dude, bro is like rapping.
That's what I'm saying. Oh! I got 10 with a bonus. Wait, never mind. I just had to give Mia money.
Wait, my money! Why did you take it out?
Wow. Okay, lucky number. Let's go. I rolled a 10 at least.
Congratulations, buddy.
Good job, college.
College time. All right, we already saw this before.
Nah.
Choose a college job. I think I want... Oh my goodness.
You want to be a director with me?
No, you know what? I'm gonna be a video game designer. I'm gonna be a little different. Let's just hope I don't get taxed. My lucky number's 1.
You're gonna make 10 extra K for...
Give me a 1. Oh! I actually got it.
What?
Wow. Extra 50K just for hitting my lucky number.
But you're poor. You have 100K.
It's fine. I can either upgrade my computer or camp under the stars.
Upgrade your computer.
Oh, you're gonna love though.
Yeah, why would I upgrade my computer, bruh?
You'd be at $0.
I'm gonna lose all my money.
You're gonna get some love. Maybe you'll meet a wife.
Maybe. You have the most happiness.
Ow.
Hold the crown until the end to win a score bonus. All right, give me that. I am the king.
You know what I call me, king?
I'm the crown of love.
I'm gonna go on a crazy run.
I need to get crowns on everything. Knowledge, money. Right now, Shady's holding all of that.
Oh yeah. Ha. Ha.
Okay, Martin.
Oh, it landed on 2.
No, it did not.
Bro.
Oh.
Brother!
Nah, you gotta pay Mia another 50.
Ooh.
Dude, this game is all luck.
Why am I getting paid?
Dude, are you serious?
All right, well, I'm out of here. See y'all later, man. See ya, Mia.
Okay, are you gonna stay single or get married? You want more knowledge or love?
You know what I'd choose. Come on now.
Okay. You're not gonna get your love score up at all?
Oh, thank goodness. No, you're the lover.
All right, bruh.
I'm good on this side.
Let's see if he makes money.
What is that? Ooh!
Wow, he's making a lot of salary. Job?
Job.
Get a raise?
Dude.
Gets new job.
Are you gonna raise 7K or try and get a better job?
Nah, I'm getting a new job.
All right, let's see.
Let's see. Ooh.
Bruh.
Both of those getting taxed heavy.
You know what, dude? I'm going robotics engineer.
All right.
Wasn't that the first one you were picking?
Yeah, I decided not to do it, though. Now I'm gonna do it.
He's just gotta hope not to get taxed.
Hey, let's see what I get. Yeah!
Zoe got her lucky number again.
Go, Zoe!
Dang!
So we go get married and lose all your money, bro.
What? I actually will get married. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So go get. I want love.
No.
That'd be crazy.
Land on my 1.
Oh, of course. That was my lucky number last time.
Yay!
Well,
Now it's gone.
All right.
looks like Zoe's very ahead. Same with Mia.
Let's watch the master play.
She's gonna get a 1. Yes, give me that 50K.
Nah.
Give me that.
It's okay. It's like it was never in the account.
He boot gained his money back.
Okay, so I got 1. Yay. I'm so happy.
Are you gonna watch a game stream or order takeout?
Oh, you get 2 hearts for that, though. And you got a lot of money.
True.
I'm gonna be smart.
Nah.
That did nothing for you.
JD's trying to mess you up.
It gave me a book point.
All right, my turn. Yeah.
I'm not trying to mess you up. You get a crown if you're like the happiest.
I just had to pay Shady.
Boot gang! What's up?
Bro, stop stealing. Move out of my way.
Oh, you got a new job.
Bro,
Yes. Okay, I can either get a raise or get a new job.
Do it.
what job do you want, Cash?
I'm going to get a new job.
Do the new job. Yeah.
New job, new job.
Could be a banger.
Gimme, gimme, gimme. Ooh, robotics engineer.
Nah.
I can be like Shady.
Oh, we will be engineers together, brother.
All right, my lucky number's 2. Next round. I just feel like I'm not getting great things compared to y'all.
I got money.
That's because you went to college.
Okay, bruh.
Oh?
I'm making more money now at least.
Oh, 5. Let's go.
Bro. Oh, land on my 2. No.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, give me that money. Yes.
Wow.
Salary and
Salary after you go to college is crazy.
board game battle. Ooh.
Wait, what?
Okay, that actually looks kind of fire.
Uh-oh.
All right, let's do it. I gotta get first. I want that 200K. Okay, Martin.
So what do we do?
Been the highest number. Here we go. 10, baby. 10.
Oh, 4.
Yeah, and Zoe's gonna get 10.
Yay!
Oh, let's go.
Zoe got a 3. Okay, Mia gets a...
Guaranteed 40.
Let me go like this and then roll it.
Dang it.
Yo!
Yeah!
Wait, did that strat actually work?
No, stop. It's not. No, bro.
Boom. No way that actually...
No! What?
Wait, I figured out the strat.
You are the worst.
Ain't no way I just got a 10.
You literally stole that.
So I've been trying that strat all game, and that ain't working. I put it on my lucky number every time before I spin.
Why did Mia put it on 7?
Because I thought maybe it'd go to 10.
Oh,
It doesn't work. You lied to me.
Worth it, Martin. Oh, you got married.
Oh,
Zoe's getting married.
it's time to get married.
Oh, you get to choose your bride?
Yay! I am married now.
Whoa, it's blue.
Yo, is that who I think it is?
Is that who I think it is?
What?
Yo.
Yo.
Hey, yo.
What are you guys talking about?
Oh, spin to collect. You can either... Oh, this is just only good.
Yay!
That could have been you, Shady. That could have been you.
He's going to get more knowledge.
10K.
That's why she got only 10K. Oh, that could have been you.
Why do you get it from me?
What? Why am I paying her? What's going on?
Whoa, what was she stealing all our money?
Yay!
Yeah, that's good.
Go again.
Yeah.
Dude, Zoe has so much luck. Oh, let's go.
No.
Uh-oh.
Give me that 50K. Thank you.
No. My money.
You rolled my lucky number. Nah, who's that on the back of your bike?
It's my husband.
That's her husband.
She got a hubby. Oh, no.
Okay, graduate or babysit.
You will get a better job. I'll babysit.
Keep in mind that's your second chance, though.
Oh, I swear.
I don't know how many you get.
I swear. Yes, red.
No! Only 20K?
Thank goodness. Whew.
I was trying to have 80.
Okay, Martin.
I'm gonna go on 1.
It's not gonna work for you, Mia.
Watch this.
Nah.
Talk to me.
Ain't no way.
Give me that 50K, baby.
Dude, what?
You landed on Zoe's lucky number.
Dude, that is such a scam.
And you just ran over her.
Nah, I think he ran over you.
All right. Do I want to get married? Oh, wait. No, this is Mia. Never mind.
As much as I want happiness, I'm staying single.
Nah, you're supposed to get married.
She's competing for the knowledge. Hey, yo.
You're supposed to get married. That's what happens when you skip it.
Give me that money.
Dude, if I land on yours again, I'm gonna get so mad.
Hey, bro, I'm trying to tell you. Oh, I'm not even there. Let's go.
All right.
Get a gigantic TV or rock, paper, scissors duel.
What a waste.
Rock, paper, scissors, duel.
Dude, both of these are terrible. I'm gonna lose.
Rock, paper, scissors, duel.
Yeah, do the rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, duel.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Let's go. Choose me. Yes.
Oh,
What do I do?
I don't know. I guess you got to spin it.
What do I do?
I think it's just a spin.
Spin for the highest number? No! Oh, I'm so losing.
You got a 4?
He's gonna use the strat.
Oh, yeah. Give me that. Give me that.
Woo! Should have bought the TV, bro.
Give me that 100K.
Bro, Mia, you're down.
And I'm up.
Dude, I am so down.
Oh my goodness. Oh wait, I gotta spin? It's my turn. Yes, sir. No, I gotta pay Shady now. Bro,
Let's go. Give me that money, boy.
I hate these lucky numbers. Oh my goodness. Now I will either get married or stay on my path. You know what? I'm the king of love.
Go get married, brother.
Let me get married. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Give me a... No, dude.
Give me the money.
Zoe has gotten so much.
Actually bumming off of all of us.
Give me that 120K.
I wanna be a millionaire.
Hello, Zoe.
Who you choosing?
All right.
Get married.
All right, I'm choosing that.
What?
Who's that?
Beautiful.
Thank you guys for coming to my wedding.
I'm choosing that. What?
There was 3 options. All right, spin for your wedding gift. All right, give me the black. Give me black. Yes.
No, dude.
What the heck?
Everybody gives me 20.
Why?
Getting robbed for love.
I'm your Uber driver. Get in.
Get in.
Oh my goodness. I'm loaded.
Bro's bumming off me.
You're such a bum, bro.
Let's spin again. Oh.
La, so close.
Should have been my number, man.
Bloody.
6. Give me that 6.
Uh-oh. What is that? Oh, we almost had a baby.
Okay, I think I've pulled ahead. Look at our stats. I got 2 love, 2 knowledge, no money. Apparently.
Yeah, you know why they call me king?
Okay.
Get it.
Please, bro, I'm gonna have to pay Zoe. Oh, let's go.
Okay, Farton.
No.
Wow.
Oh, let's go. Whoa, okay, hang on.
What is this? Investment.
Grow your family?
Invest in your future or grow your family.
Nah, invest. Hi. Bro, are you serious?
Nah.
Boop.
You don't care about growing your family?
Hold a garage sale.
Garage sale or laser tag battle?
Ooh, laser tag battle.
Ooh.
That one looks fun.
We should do it. Laser tag. Laser tag.
Do I really want to risk giving y'all a bunch of money?
No, right?
Yes?
Heck nah.
Really, bruh?
Heck no, I'm gonna be boring and I'm gonna land on black.
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
And all y'all staying broke.
You could have won 200.
It didn't even take from us.
Yeah, and you could have won 200. Ain't gonna happen.
200.
3.
Ah, so close.
Oh, she gonna have a baby?
Child.
What?
I want cats!
Really?
She gonna get a dog. Oh, she gets a dog. You got a dog.
I have a puppy dog.
That's just my baby dog.
Your love score just went up.
That's just my baby dog.
Ooh, and I got a Jeep.
She upgraded her car.
Mia's turn.
Alrighty, let's lie.
Lock in. Oh.
Ooh, almost had to tax Zoe.
Okay, thank goodness.
So close.
Oh.
Dude, she's going so far, bruh.
She is flying through.
All right.
Invest in your future or grow your family.
So I know I want to be the richest ever, but I need me a lucky.
Okay.
Because we going to be rich together.
A little kid, I think you're gonna be a cat lady, bro. You single.
Bro!
Baby time.
Oh.
So close.
Only one chance.
Going vacay?
Kart race.
Okay, this. I want some money, bro.
I want some money. This is a great kart race.
What?
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Ain't no way.
I'm gonna start talking my trash right now. Y'all are terrible.
Give me the 10. Give me a 10. Dude.
Oh, dude, that's still good, bro. I'm gonna literally land on 1.
Bro.
I pre-spinned it with my hand and then spun it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you like that? You like that little strat? Yeah, I'm banned, bro.
Oh, 6. Wait, you might get 3rd place, though. Let's see, Zoe.
Ain't no way.
Dude, what?
Nah, you got 4th?
At least I got 80K.
You got 10K, Shady.
I hate this game, bruh. What is this?
That's just sad.
I'm at 800.
He's about to be a millionaire.
So heckin' bad. All right, my turn. Let's go. Do not land on Shady. Yes.
No, I wanted the money.
Okay, what am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? I think I am going to invest in my future because I have nothing in the piggy bank right now. Yeah.
You have 800K.
I need more piggy. Oh, yeah.
Nah.
Let's go.
Are you serious?
Give me that.
And he lands on his salary and gets more money?
Oh, my goodness.
What the Merton?
What the Martin?
Round.
All right, I'm doing good so far.
I don't even care anymore, bro. Just spin, bro. Just spin.
It's all just luck.
Bruh.
No way.
I am here to ruin Shady's day.
I'm just broke, bro. I can't do nothing.
JD has the worst luck in games.
Well, he has one of the highest salaries, though, so he just made it back.
Yeah, and then wait, bro. I'm gonna just get taxed.
Do the garage sale.
Heck no, I'm making a scrapbook.
Nah. Bro just made a scrapbook.
Zoe time.
All right.
Give me the money. No. It's okay.
Okay, Martin.
I was stuck behind the zone still.
Yeah, going to college was definitely the move.
Kart race!
Kart race.
You know, but heart rate.
Yes.
Dang, you could have been the king of love.
I thought about it.
All right, who's gonna get the highest number? 9?
It's a good day to be Zoe.
We have to beat 9?
It's a good day.
Oh my goodness. Mia?
Mia.
Oh, it's my turn.
Oh, nah.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh.
Yo, she got a 5.
Not looking good for Mia.
All right, watch this, watch this, watch this. Boom. Come on, come on. Oh, no.
Oh, you got a 4.
Whoa!
Katie, comeback moment.
Is this the dagger?
I swear, if I get 4th right here.
Try it.
JD, I'm rooting for you, man.
Yes.
Dude.
Easy money.
Are you serious?
Zoya.
I got 10K.
Oh, I'm up.
Wow.
What in the world was that?
If you got 4th place, that's what would have happened. All right, Mia, your turn.
Alrighty, let me lucky.
Nah.
Give me the money. Oh, no.
Dude, 6 is not that bad.
She got a 6.
Plus, I have to stop anyway because I'm the goat.
No!
You got a decision to make. Online course or continue your life?
Online course, bro.
Nah.
Dude, I gotta get smart. Look at me, I graduated.
Bro's becoming a drop shipper.
Yes, sir.
Online business time.
All right, now I'm smart. All right, I can upgrade my job finally.
Ooh.
What are you gonna do?
Nobody's landing on 1, but people are bound to land on 4.
Oh my gosh, what an awful choice.
Yo.
Bro, hear me out. Y'all are gonna land on 4 and I'm gonna be rich.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
You just landed on Shady's lucky number.
What in the world?
Thank you, buddy.
Now he's up.
Whatever, I'm leaving.
Oh, nah, she's making salary too.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
She made all that back quick.
Girl.
Wow.
All right.
Girl, what the heck?
Give me my... Okay, 9's good.
Really, dude?
No, no.
I love it.
Oh, he's gonna stop, is he? Oh my gosh.
Okay. Do I want to start a band or a costume contest?
Please don't start a band.
Ooh, costume contest with your boy, please.
No, I'm starting a band. I need to get my love up.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You already the king of love, though. Like what?
Yeah, I know.
Play.
I gotta stay the king of love. Martin?
Let's go, Spinny.
Okay.
Spin on that, John.
Yes!
Bro.
Give me 50.
And I get 2 spaces? I'm not even gonna hit the thing. Bro, are you serious?
What the skib? Oh, you can either go on a road trip.
I'm listening to an audiobook. I don't care. Let's go.
Zoya time.
Okay, Martin.
No.
Okay, Martin.
Oh, so close.
Wow.
Nah.
And you know what?
All that for what?
All that for nothing.
Are you gonna invest in your future or grow your family?
I will grow family. I want more cash.
Family.
Wait, why is it not going?
Vin Diesel strat.
Space.
What if I want to do it myself?
Click space.
Oh, wow.
Dude, why is nobody landing on my 4, bro?
Lucky Zoe.
Zoya time.
All right, are you gonna hold a garage sale or go on a road trip for true love?
Ooh, you could be the king of love. Oh, he's gonna king of love.
I need to get my hearts up.
Stop it.
He just boo ganged it from you.
You boot ganged my king of love.
I am the queen of hearts.
Now I have nothing.
Yeah, you have nothing.
I have nothing.
Oh.
Nothing.
All right, on a lucky.
Okay, what? She got a 10? Really?
It said spin to move. I spun it.
Oh, never mind. She buns.
Hello?
Click space. Oh, she just got a bonus.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Action.
Okay.
And I got an achievement.
Whoa.
Bowling duel or sell a vintage spoon online? I would definitely go with bowling and choose me.
No, you just want money, but I'll still do it.
Nah, pick me though. Pick me though. I got the least amount.
No, who has the least amount of money? It actually is Shady.
Let's go.
No.
Land on 1.
It actually is Shady, bro. Dude, come on.
She got a 4.
So think about it, guys. The odds are in my favor,
You have a 60% chance of winning.
but I'm probably still going to land below 4.
60% chance of a dub. Oh.
Oh, Sigma.
Ain't no way.
Oh, Sigma.
Oh, sad.
Wow.
All right, let's go. Give me a good spin. Oh, 6. Not bad.
Come on, get 8.
Bro, I need money, bro. Y'all just boo ganging my stuff.
Would I rather online course or continue life? Online course. Give me that. I have enough money to spend on it.
Please click my link in the description, and it will take you to my online class. Bro.
I only have 2 spots left. All right. Astronomer or brain surgeon?
It's looking crazy.
Astronomer. Give me that.
That's a lot of money.
My lucky number is now 1. And I spin, and I got a 4. Wow.
Yay! My plan worked.
Mia you got it.
All right, Mia, I'm still at a milli though. Look at that, 200K.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Taxes!
No, no.
And you just got a raise.
You got audited, bro.
Nah. What if I evade them?
Yeah.
Nah, you can't do that.
Let's do it.
What they gonna do?
I don't know if you could legally do that.
I'm gonna start evading my taxes, bro.
Not allowed.
Mia, did I say legally?
Fair.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna land on 10 here. Mark my butt.
Oh, you got a 9.
Let's go. Bro, it doesn't even matter.
Online course.
Yeah, you know I'm going online course.
All right, how much money you gonna make?
Click my link in the description and you can apply for my course where I will show you how to dropship properly. Oh.
Oh, astronomer or wind energy technician.
Oh,
Better hope you don't get taxed.
I won't get taxed as much there.
Huh.
Maybe I go the safe route?
I don't know. It's your choice. You want to make more or do you want to get taxed? Or do you want to be safe on taxes?
Tax less. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm gonna go astronomer.
Lucky number is 2. Okay, we're holding down 1 and 2.
I just want to keep my lucky number.
Bro, thank goodness.
Wow, that was close.
I was gonna say, and I get past the taxes.
No.
Let's go. And I ran you over.
Really, bruh?
Diet time.
Okay, Zoe, I swear if you get... Oh my goodness.
Yay!
Dude, Zoe's the luckiest in the world.
Wow.
Dude, I know.
She's not even gonna get a baby.
And she's the king of love.
Oh, she got taxed!
No!
Yes. Wait, she only gets taxed 40.
It's okay.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Not that much of a dub.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, Mia, please land on 1.
All right, all right, all right.
Baka.
Baka 6.
Oh, she got lucky again.
Okay.
All right, risky or safe?
Dude, I'm the goat. Like,
What?
All right, she took the risky path.
That's crazy.
I'm the goat. I'm the goat.
Oh.
And she got a 9.
You just skipped past it all.
Oh, is she gonna get taxed though?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
It didn't even matter.
Yeah.
Wow.
She just skipped past all of it.
Gigantic sunglasses or a snail farm? What?
You know what? I'm starting a snail farm.
Oh, she wants a piggy banks.
I could see Mia doing something like that, low key.
I could too.
Okay, Martin. Give me a good number. Let's go. Run it. I swear, if I get a 1. Okay, 6 is fine.
I swear I'm going to break my monitor, bro.
I swear. Do not tax me.
Ooh.
Action. Bowling duel or renovate your house. I don't need more money. I'm gonna renovate my house. Give me some piggy banks.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Please, game, give me some good. Give me some good rolls here.
Dude, why am I turned so quick?
Cause you're buns.
Really, bro?
Bro, you're almost done with the game.
Fuck yeah!
Oh, he got number 3.
I guess that's not bad. I get a little activity.
All right, action. Restore an old painting or renovate your house.
I'm renovating the home, bro.
Keep that piggy bank.
I want a nice house too.
Oh, nah. Oh, nah.
By the way, guys, Shady's winning.
I know.
Is he really?
Yeah.
How?
He's got the most money and the most piggy banks and knowledge.
No. No.
I do not. Look, you just. Oh, wait. I stole from you. Ha. Boo gang.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, Zoe. Online course or continue life?
So you need more education. You need more.
Yeah, you kind of dumb.
Yeah.
No. It's just we didn't go to college.
Nah, you kind of dumb. Continue life and go have a baby.
You know what? Fine. I will go and get an online course. You are a hater.
Now it's time for new jobs, oh yeah.
New job. No problem.
Oh. She got her first knowledge point.
Bro, this is like buns.
Chef or app developer?
Nah, it's chill. Be a chef. Be a chef. Be a chef.
You should have went to college.
I'll do a chef.
I'm a chef too.
Lucky number 9. Oh, no.
Chef sisters.
Boom.
I don't like that.
I don't want to get a 9. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Dude, of course she gets a 10.
La 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 la.
Ah,
Ow.
Really, bruh?
Ooh, what's the action?
Complete online tutorial or costume contest for 100K.
You need books. You need books.
I need the books.
Nah, she's scared.
I want that.
I gotta lock in.
I want that.
She's scared to compete against me.
No, I'm not.
Because I got better costumes. Oh, yeah, give me that.
Oh. Dude, what in the world? A 1?
Yeah, and you got a 1, too.
Wow. Nice.
I hit her while she was down.
ooh.
Oh, dude, you already know I'm playing. Wait, get married.
Get married or play Sudoku.
Second chance?
For free? For free?
You get married for free?
I'll go with that.
I'm gonna choose the same as Cash.
Bro stole his guy's thing.
My guy. I chose a girl, all right?
You what?
What y'all paying me, huh?
10K.
10. You ain't no gangster. That's right. You ain't no gangster.
10.
Dude, oh my gosh!
Enjoy the 30K.
Wow, y'all are some greedy.
Bro just took me out of the millionaire category. We have beef now.
All right, let's go. Spin to move. Yes, give me the 10. Yes.
No!
Oh, don't even matter.
Aw, what? All right, I'm going risky. Let's do it. Spin to move.
Oh, he skipped past all of it.
Give me a 7.
I think he just passed it. No.
Oh, he's gonna get it. He's gonna land on one of the spinny things.
6, 7.
Oh, wait, what is this?
Okay, what is that?
Fate takes control. After...
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is boring.
Please, please, please. Give me this one. Give me the action.
Taxes, 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 taxes.
Yes!
What is that? Action.
Yes, action. Okay.
No.
I want more...
Get alpaca.
No, I want more knowledge.
You bloody, you take it from me.
Uh-oh.
I'm the king of knowledge.
That is not good, guys. He has too much money.
Oh, nah, I just had to pay 100K though. Okay, Fatin, we're reaching the end.
Bro, I'm losing.
Yeah, you are.
Let's go. Please work out in my favor.
Oh, nah. Board game battle or complete an online tutorial.
Wait, take your crown back.
Will he take it back if he ties?
I don't know.
I don't think you do, but I need my knowledge though. I need to study. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Zoe time. I need something good, please.
Zoe turn. Zoe turn. Nah.
Yeah.
I will take it. I need that.
Ooh, action.
Bro didn't even make it though.
Okay, Blardy.
Zoe, 2 books?
2 books.
We're behind on books. We are behind.
I'm behind on every...
I mean, girls go to Jupiter, so.
Yeah.
We did not go to college.
And I just got books, so I'm chilling.
Please, 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 please. Oh. Wait, yay.
Oh, you gotta pay Zoe.
Oh.
Oh, wait, never mind. That's not Zoe.
Nah, she made it to the end of life.
Wait, really?
You were the first player to reach retirement, 250K?
Retirement.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
But then what else?
Pension or bucket list?
Pension or bucket list?
Do you want more money or more knowledge?
I say you go for money.
I'm very behind on all those, like, crowns, so I'm doing pension.
Okay. Very smart. Very smart.
He got a nice house with 3 pigeons, 4 pigeons. Ooh.
Martin?
I won't be like you.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, what do I do?
Spin for 100K or 10K?
Wait, please give me. Please give me.
No.
Yeah.
Dude, she made so much money. All right, it's my turn. Let me add it. Yeah. Come on, come on.
Y'all don't want to see me when I'm up.
8 is good.
I just gotta play a slow game.
8 is great. Just give me that salary.
Oh, he made it.
Okay, I made it. Now I'm the second player, so I get 200K. Boom.
Dude, am I gonna be the last player?
I'm already ahead of Mia.
Bro, I'm finna be the last player.
And I'm gonna choose bucket list. Ooh.
No.
I hope you lose money because of your bucket list.
All right, really, bro? All right.
Ooh.
Red means nothing. Black means everything.
All on red. All on red. Yes. Yes.
Wow.
I have nothing.
I poop on you.
Bro.
You know the vibes.
I poop on you.
Bro. I'm gonna land on Zoe's 1 square. Can I get 7 any other time? Not this one? Yeah.
All right, risky or safe? Dang, you're all the way back there?
I know, we're far.
Guys, I'm gonna play the safe route.
Okay, Fatin.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, Fatin.
Give me the money, Shady. Give me the money.
Nice little salary boost.
No.
Okay. Little activity.
No.
Yes, give it to me. Give it to me.
Yo, he's racking up.
Ooh, give me that crown back.
Oh, you're done for, Cash.
He stole my crown again. Yo, Zoe, you gotta take the crown.
Dude, I'm trying, but he's overpowered.
Bro.
I want to be smart. It takes a lot. You know what I'm saying? I didn't love anybody throughout my life. I'm gonna die alone and raggedy. Like a soggy apricot.
I'm sorry. I'm up on that. You know what?
So risky, Zoe. Do it. I'm not asking anymore.
I'll go risky. I'll go risky. I'll go risky.
Nah, she went risky.
Yeah, she paying $500,000 in taxes.
And she got her own color, bro.
I think I passed all of it.
Yeah, you passed all of it.
I think I passed all of it.
Wow.
It didn't even matter.
Dude, I'm trying to get something cool though. Come on.
Oh, is she gonna land on taxes though?
No. No taxes for me.
Better hope you don't get a 3.
Master's degree or play bingo?
I would definitely go books.
I want to go books, because ain't no way he's going to catch up on hearts.
I'm not catching you in love. I have to get 4 hearts or 5 hearts.
Exactly.
Brother.
Dude, I'm so low on money. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Watch her land on the tax square though after this.
Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it.
That'd be funny.
Fatin?
New lucky number.
That'd be funny. Whoa, she could still spin?
Mia's turn.
Wait, what?
Oh, you could just make money.
She gets growing money.
Yeah!
Nah.
Buns.
Oh, dude, really?
Yo, thanks for taking that for me, Mia.
Yo, he can still spin?
Now I can spin for skills or nutting. Bro.
Nothing.
Oh, you are unlucky.
Wow.
Bro, are you serious?
Bro thought he was gonna get it.
He was so happy, bro. He was so happy. Okay, Zoe, we gotta end the game quick before they start spinning.
I'm trying.
I think I have worse luck than Shady. This is crazy.
Oh, yes. Yes. Bruh.
You got an action.
Yes, low numbers is good. Oh, and maybe it's not good. Never mind.
Yeah, I'm going. I don't care about getting married.
Nah, he's trying to destroy.
Dude, he has 9 knowledge.
I'm nasty, bro. I'm like old and raggedy now. Nobody wants me. I'm not even gonna try it, bro.
Oh boy.
1.
Wow. Can y'all finish the game? Hello?
Dude, for real.
I'm sorry.
Well, bro, you guys get to spin more.
Yo, let's all play a board game.
Ooh. But I need that knowledge.
You're so far behind Shady. He has 9.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you good, twin.
Oh, let's go.
I need money, realistically.
I need money.
No, you don't, greedy.
Oh, she got an 8.
Dude, I'm at 700K.
Bro, why you get high numbers? Like you literally are cheating.
I wish I hit 100 million a year after I hit 10 million. Oh, let's go.
Bro, like, are you serious?
Even numbers.
Shady's gonna get 1.
What?
It's a draw spin again?
Oh, they pushed me out.
Spin again.
Are you serious?
Oh, I'm cooked.
Mia got kicked out. Oh, she got a 3? Yeah.
Oh my,
Oh, give me that. Give me that 10. Give me. Let's go.
You don't need any more money, greedy.
Bro, you already have enough. I needed that.
I need it. Button. Oh, he got 80K.
But I only got 40.
Really? I got nothing? Like,
40.
I have nothing.
I have nothing.
Dude, I needed the money too. I'm broke.
Whatever, I'm chilling. I'll take 80.
Yay.
You got 10.
Take my 80, bruh.
Zoe, you need to get your money up, not your funny up.
I know, I'm trying. The knowledge didn't even help.
Oh, here's her chance, though.
Come on. Dude, seriously? So gross and nasty. Bleh.
Let's see what Cash gets.
Nothing.
Bro ain't getting nothing.
It's time for me to finally get my knowledge and my love. Bro!
Nothing. You guys have hit it all the time, bro.
I have nothing.
I'm so sorry for you guys.
Wow.
Kitty!
My luck's gonna turn around at the end, though.
Bro, what?
Pay me!
Dang.
Yeah, I know how you talking, brokey.
I need.
Dude, are you serious? Please, thank you. Oh my gosh, that was so close.
Okay, if I better not get a 2. I'm gonna crash out.
Yes, pay me back. Bro, you are so lucky.
Oh, give me the money. Give me the money.
50K?
It's you.
Okay. She got 150.
Thank you for the money.
It's okay. She's not gonna catch up to me.
Do I want money?
Unless she does pension.
I'll go for a heart.
Okay, Fountain.
Please, bro.
Give me the money.
I swear, if she gets it, oh my gosh.
Oh, it's good to be good.
Wait, what? You get to choose.
Let's go to my god.
I need to keep my hearts. Cash is gonna beat me or something.
Bro.
Yo, please give me money, bro. Money.
Ooh.
Money.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine.
Bro!
Bro.
Nothing.
No, my luck's gonna finally turn around.
Nothing.
Are you serious?
Nothing. Hey, it's 50-50 every time. You're just bricking it. You know what I'm saying? I got a 50-50 shot of bricking it.
Oh my.
That was the 4th time in a row I've gotten nothing.
Anything but 1, okay? Anything but 1. Anything, bro. Oh my gosh. Can I retire? Thank you.
Fountain.
Ha, give me that 100K. Use pension to rest and keep spinning on your turn for more money. I will do that. I will spend money.
He took pension.
He needs his money.
Do I at least get another try at the spinner?
Let's see.
Give me that bloody money. Give me 100K. Bro!
Oh no.
Hate this game, bro.
The game is over.
The game is over.
Who has the highest score?
I don't know.
Total money is me. It's gotta be me.
Definitely not me. I think I'm broke.
Okay. Yeah.
Holy smokes.
I'm up. Total attributes.
Hate to break it to you guys, but Steam gave me a little notification.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Who's holding the bonus crowns?
Boom.
Wait, Shady got a notification.
Yeah, no, he won.
Dude, he is up.
Wow.
Yes!
No.
Come on.
Are you kidding me, bruh?
Bro, so my pets did nothing for me?
I win at life even though I'm lonely.
Okay, if I didn't spin nothing 4 times in a row, I could have won. Oh, these are the total scores of everybody now. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Today, we played Balloons Tower Defense 6 and got so far into the game that balloons weren't even able to enter the map without getting popped immediately. We also played with 4 players, which means quadruple the amount of monkeys. Hope you guys enjoy. Squadron, our goal today is to pop as many balloons as possible.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
And I'm doing so by putting a little monkey right here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Everyone can put their monkeys down.
I'll put one right here.
Good placement, Zoe. Good placement!
That's what I'm saying.
All right, let's start it.
And let's make it go fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to go fast.
Okay, yeah. We're most definitely just going to kill all these balloons off the start. I don't think they're ever getting through.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Oh, yeah, we got this.
Not y'all slowing it down and speeding it up.
Yo, let me control the speed. Let me control the speed. Nobody press it but me.
Who is doing that?
I want to press the button.
No, do not press the button.
Stop it!
Oh my goodness, stop pressing the button. Just let me speed it up. Why do we only have 3 monkeys on here? There's 4 of us.
Because I was saving up.
Do you get money?
Well, we might
Oh, that's a lot.
save up. Okay.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, we got Quincy now.
Who is slowing it down? Someone is slowing it down.
Stop pressing the button.
Nobody pressed the button.
Who's pressing it?
Zoe!
We're good to keep going here.
It wasn't me.
I don't think any of these balloons are getting past any of us.
I don't think so either.
I think I'm going to keep saving up because I'm almost at Quincy as well.
I ain't got no money.
I want to have that hero in here.
Gimme, gimme.
I'm almost there. It's 540. I'm at 490.
Ugh, mine's 1,000.
Yo, Mia, you're stealing all the balloons from me.
Bro, I need money!
The ninja monkey is way too OP.
I has no upgrades either. It's just newbie.
I love the ninja monkey. Come on, $2 more. Yes! I got Quincy. I'm going to place him.
Where should I put mine?
You are so going to hog these balloons.
I'm going to place him over here. Don't worry.
Yay!
Just in case anyone gets past us, we'll be able to stop any of the balloons.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay, Bo.
We're most definitely chilling on all these levels for now.
Bet that.
If it starts getting past him, though, we should probably slow down and think it through.
Yeah, good idea.
True beans.
We're definitely going to make it through all 60 of these rounds. We're already a 1/6 of the way there, if you think about it.
We chilling.
Oh my goodness. Yo, we are going brazy on these balloons.
That was a whole lot.
My Quincy hasn't even shot a single one yet.
Bro's just chilling over there.
Yeah, he's just chilling.
Who put their Quincy at the beginning, bruh?
I don't know. It's in the way.
Oh, nah. Really, Zoe?
Yo, who did that, guys?
What in the bougie? All right, let's go.
Oh, it's taking me so long to get money.
Dude, they can't even pass the first entrance.
Yo, let me request money.
Yo, who's got money?
I am not giving her money.
Oh, yeah?
Stop it!
Yo, you can get your own money. Wait, how'd you do that?
You click the little monkeys on the side.
Oh.
Please!
Nuh-uh. I'm saving my own money to buy whatever I want.
Fine, AFK.
Ooh, I'm level 21. Wait, hold on.
Yo, Mia, check out my piggy
I
bank.
just got Striker Jones.
Yo! You got extra money for me?
I don't really give it out to brokies.
Nah.
Mia, you have the most money in the lobby.
Yeah, that's right.
How do you see people's money? Oh, right here.
Nah, Mia's stacking.
Mia got 800. What?
Because I'm saving up!
What does this button do? Powers.
Ooh.
Whoa. I didn't realize you could have powers in this.
Oh, yeah.
That is sick. Okay, my Quincy has literally not gotten a single balloon yet.
That's just unfortunate.
Martin the bougie.
Well, you put him in the worst spot.
Yeah, I know, but I thought balloons would be getting past by now, but I don't think they are.
You are not Bougie Mata.
Okay, really, bougie? Oh, no, still none. All right, it's fine.
Let's go.
I wonder if I could put a boat right here. Oh, I can. Look at this guy.
Y'all want to see some crazy placement? Look at that ice monkey up there.
How'd you put the ice monkey? Oh, that's in between the tracks.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness, these rounds are going so fast.
We're already at 21.
It's about to get a little cray-cray.
We don't even have to try. It's getting a little cray-cray, but at the same time, they're still not getting past my Quincy.
Might I add that your placement of your boat is horrendous. Nobody else can fit anything in there.
Sorry. Okay.
Sell it!
I'll remove him if you hate him so much. Okay? I'm putting him at the edge.
Bro, hogging the pool to
I'm
himself.
sorry. Jeez.
There we go.
What in the bougie?
I want you to press the button.
Not like y'all were gonna use that pool anyways.
You know what? I was gonna use the pool. Thank you very much.
Press the button.
Really, Zoe?
Why would you place the submarine there?
Bro, the whole pool gone.
W pool.
Oh,
Nah.
Man, y'all are hogging the money, bro. Give me some.
I wonder when the camel balloons are coming in.
that's what I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, wait, I'm hogging it.
I'm gonna put a sniper back here. Yeah, Mia.
Bro, putting a sniper? What?
Yeah, sniper in the corner. Boom.
Why that far?
I'm saving up my funds.
Just wait until we get the camel balloons. You'll see why I did it.
Okay.
No, your sniper can't shoot it unless you get night goggles.
No, yeah, it doesn't matter. At least I have them there.
You stress me out, Cash.
So many.
Oh my goodness, these balloons are going so fast.
Uh-oh.
Oh gosh, we have lead.
Oh, boy.
Guys, lock in. Lock in. Slow it down.
Okay, here, wait. Let's slow it down. We need a little cannon.
I got y'all. I got y'all.
Who sped it up? Oh my goodness.
Yo, somebody got to get a cannon, bro.
The cannon's right there.
Okay, good, because I'm saving up my money.
What in the martin?
Y'all are on your own.
All right, let's go. Keep moving it through.
All right, bro. Why did Zoe put that dart monkey in that corner in the beginning?
I don't know, bro.
Ooh, I got a banana farm.
Listen, I got stressed.
And who put the banana farm?
No, bro, I need money. I need money.
It'll help. It'll help.
Yo, I want a banana farm.
We got more of these lead balloons, but it's fine because we got a cannon now.
Yo, let me upgrade my skirt, all right?
Okay, hold it just a second.
Yeah, how much money do you have?
100.
What?
Oh.
We broke out here. That's all right, though.
There's a gnat. Sorry, I'm getting distracted.
Bro, if you still haven't killed it?
No, it's not dead.
Come back for revenge.
Okay, we're already halfway through this. We're kind of crazy at this game.
Kinda chilling.
We don't even need that many monkeys. We just have them all at the start.
True beans.
Honestly, we're locked in.
Yeah, true that.
Yo, I'm level 21.
The mob comes at 40.
Okay, we'll watch out for the Moabs.
Moab. Bro, you are hogging. Zoe's thing is hogging all the balloons.
Was that it?
Money.
Yo, I'm about to put my monkey at the front.
No!
No, for real, bro.
Yeah, bro. I'm done with this.
Oh, yeah.
Let me have the money.
Ain't no way she upgraded that one over there. Ain't no way.
Hey, y'all watch this though. Ready?
You hating.
Boom. Oh, yeah, we got a plane.
No, that plane, the placement. It's just the placement.
Let's go. Well, they don't even go to the right side of the screen anyways, so
This is horrendous.
that placement's not bad. I'm gonna place another one on the right side.
Oh, boy.
Oh, we're good.
We gotta have symmetrical plane placements. We're most definitely chilling. I don't think any of these balloons are getting past us.
There's so many balloons.
See? That plane helped. Ooh, I can unlock a banana farm.
Ooh.
Or a spike factory.
Get yourself a banana farm.
I'm gonna do the banana farm. Boom. I want to make more money here.
Okay, we got more lead balloons now. What in the bougie?
I'm gonna upgrade my cannon just in case.
Uh-oh.
Bigger bombs and faster reload. I'm gonna make it a missile launcher now.
Okay, Boge.
Boom.
Let me upgrade my ice real quick.
Okay, Boji. Yeah, we chilling. Ain't none of these guys getting past. Are those clay balloons?
Wait, how do you turn the item?
They won't do anything.
Zoe, what on earth are you doing? Oh, no.
What did she do?
Who slowed it down? Who slowed it down?
Oh my goodness. There are so many balloons getting through.
Okay, the Moabs are coming.
We gotta ready our cannons up.
Uh-oh.
All right, let's get some cannons over here. No, who started it?
Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Who clicked play?
Whoopsie.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta get some monkeys going, like, now.
Brother!
That was not me, Martin.
Dude, we're so gonna die, bro. We're so gonna die.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh. Somebody. Zoe, did you
Dude.
start it? I clicked the button. Oh my gosh.
Why are you clicking the button?
It was too tempting. We almost died. We almost died.
Zoe, you are no longer allowed to click the button anymore.
Hey, shout out to my glue brothers.
What does that even mean?
There's so many monkeys over there.
Okay, if we lose this round, we're kicking Zoe out.
We'll switch her out with the peanut.
Oh, true that. I don't have enough money to buy another monkey.
Here, I'll give you some money.
I got some money.
All right, get yourself loaded up.
Oh, thank you. Now I could buy a ninja monkey. Yes, sir.
We give you money?
Ninja monkey, you're going right over.
What? Zoe gave me money. What are you doing?
Oh, thank you, Zoe.
And give you money?
Yes, give us all your money.
I'll do a dance for you.
Yay!
We're getting a mortar monkey.
And now I gave all my money away.
Boom. Look at him down there.
Oh gosh.
Can I press the button?
Press it.
All right, I'm pressing it. Zoe's not allowed to press it anymore.
Oh, let me press it.
You are no longer allowed to.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness. You see, when we don't have the Moabs, they just get instantly obliterated.
True. Yo, we chilling.
If we had more cannons, we would have gotten past those. Okay, I think we're chilling.
Press it.
Wait, we have camel balloons coming up. We need increased vision for these guys. Night vision.
My ninja monkey's pretty good on those.
Enhanced eyesight. Let's get another monkey right here with enhanced eyesight. Oh, I don't have enough money. Okay, it's fine. We should be able to go through. I'll upgrade him in just a second here. There you go. Now he's enhanced. We're chilling. Boom!
Yay! W!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. They're getting a little close there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we cannot lose any lives or we are dead.
What? We'll be chilling, don't worry.
Yeah, true that.
You scare me.
Are you sure about that?
You scare me.
I haven't seen any camel balloons yet. I'm just seeing the zebra ones.
Big zebra.
And I don't know what they do, to be honest.
Give me the money.
Come on. What are those? They were purple.
They are not getting by my monkey. They're not getting by.
Those are different.
Yeah, they're definitely not. That tax shooter at the front is so big.
I could put this here.
Look at how upgraded that thing is.
Yeah, you like that? You like my little tax shooter?
Wait, I could buy a banana farm too.
I got myself a banana farm.
What is that placement?
What is that, man?
Zoe!
I like my placement.
Really, Bougie?
Oh, we have an order. There's an order!
W design.
Come on, Zoe. Why she laugh like that?
She's up to something.
No.
Oh, yeah. Do you guys hear these whispers?
Yeah, it's her hero.
Apologies.
Oh, that's a cool hero.
Yeah, no, she's sick. Watch this.
What did it just do?
It destroys a lot of balloons.
Oh my goodness. They're not making it past any of us.
You need some money, bud?
What in the bougie? I'm good. I don't need any money.
I gave you some.
Although, I can unlock a spike factory.
What's that?
Yeah. It shoots spikes onto the road.
Okay.
It's kind of cool. I'm going to place one right here. Spike factory in the middle. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
What about him?
They can try and get through. Oh, wait. They might actually get through.
Oh.
No, we're chilling.
We're doomed.
I think. We should definitely upgrade a little more in between these rounds, though. Okay.
What about it?
Yeah, good idea.
Oh, I know what I'm adding. No, you added it before me.
Oh, wait, you want me to? I can remove it.
No, it's fine. We'll have two of them. Super monkey. Let's go.
All right, it's time. It's time.
Oh, yeah. They can try and get past. They're not even going to get close.
I'm going to add my mermaid.
Ooh, a mermaid.
What? You said mermaid?
Oh, yeah.
How do you have mermaids here?
It's goated.
Okay, Bougie. Yeah, these camel balloons don't even stand a chance either.
Guys, there's so much going on the screen.
I want to get laser vision on my super monkey, but I don't have enough money yet. So I need to keep grinding.
Yeah, it's going to take a minute.
Let's keep going. Come on.
Whoa.
Keep grinding. Oh, Moabs. Yo, we got Moabs.
I think we're good.
Nah, we're chilling. They can't even do anything. Oh, nah. We gonna flawless this.
I think so, too.
With 41 health because Zoe decided to start the game early.
We were not ready. Like, not even close.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm definitely not.
I think we were cooking.
Give me laser vision. Yeah. Let's go, super monkey. I love this guy. He my favorite.
Don't forget to collect your bananas.
Oh, true. I keep forgetting about that.
Oh, the bananas.
If you just keep circling your mouse in the bottom right, it'll collect the bananas.
The more you know.
Let's run it. Oh my goodness. Okay, now they're not even getting past the top left corner, to be honest.
This is overpowered.
I think that's how OP we are. Yeah.
We almost finished the level.
All right.
Let's go. All right, I can get the engineer monkey. Boom. I'm not sure if he's that good, but it's fine.
He's actually really goated at tier 5.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I wonder when we're gonna get the red Moabs.
That's a lot of big ships.
We're only getting the blue ones.
Just wanna press the button.
Let's go.
You're banned from the button.
You are banned from the button, Zoe.
I want you to press it.
I'm gonna press it.
Plasma blasts. Rah!
I'm pressing it.
Look at my super monkey up there. He goated.
Press it.
Oh yeah. Zoe is not pressing it.
I pressed the button.
Camos.
Oh, now we got lead balloons.
Uh-oh.
We're chilling. We're chilling. Yeah, look at that. Try and get through those spikes. I'd like to see you try. Okay, these are the last few rounds. Let's upgrade a little bit. I'm gonna upgrade my boatman. Grape shot, long range. Let's upgrade Quincy. No, we can't. I'm gonna place... Actually, nothing. I'm just gonna upgrade my monkey in the beginning. All right, let's go. There's the big one. That's the big guy.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's okay. They're not doing anything. Oh, my goodness.
Yo, we could.
We win.
Let's go.
Holy schmucks.
Let's go. We all popped so many balloons.
Ain't no ways Zoe got head detective.
Yeah, I'm that good.
Zoe placed all her monkeys in the beginning and stole it from us.
She got all the pops.
Ooh, let's go.
Okay, now we're doing something a little different. You see how there's 4 circles on this map?
Yes.
Oh, great.
We all get our own side to build on.
Oh.
Ooh.
So you can only build it. Mine's the top left one. So I think I'm just gonna put down a little dart monkey first.
That's not fair. Like, you get all the pops.
Well, they might make it past my guys, so who knows? Is that Shady's monk in the start?
Nah, that's mine.
Okay, so that's Zoe. Who has the water in the bottom right?
That was me.
All right, so it goes Cash, Zoe, Mia, Shady.
Nah, you know what? I'm taking all your kills, bro.
Nuh-uh. Okay, they're getting through now.
Yeah, hold on.
Whoa, Mia, we're gonna need some balloons on your... Wait, you have a sniper?
I'm taking all your kills, bro.
Word.
Give me that money!
Okay, Bougie. I'm guessing they exit from the end there. I'm gonna need to upgrade my monkey soon after this round. We had a lot of blue ones that other one, but these ones are easier. I don't get it. That level was way easier than the last. Okay. Sharp shots. Boom. Let's go. Who is starting it?
Zoe.
Zoe, you're banned from the play button. How do we take away her perms?
No, don't take them away.
Also, don't forget, this is hard mode, so it's way more difficult than easy mode.
Nah, we got this. Don't worry.
I don't know about that. Wait, okay. I see why Mia put the sniper down. She's just trying to steal the kills from the edge there.
Dude, I need the that money.
Really? How? I'm getting none of the pops now.
She's farming.
Word?
Listen, you gave me the back left corner. Like, I'm so far away.
Kind of a goated strategy.
Wait, I have a cool strategy. Watch this strat. Boom. Oh, yeah.
That placement is so off.
What is that, brother?
That tack shooter, see?
You see that?
Bro, I don't like that placement, brother.
Me either, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry. I wanted to fit another one in my section.
That looks like poopy, bro.
It does not. That's good placement. Now I can place more things there in my square.
Man, can we get a move on, bro?
Yeah, these balloons are slow and easy.
Speed run.
Let's run it. Come on.
Gimme.
Get the balloons through. I'm getting like no money back here.
Give me all the money.
All right, I'm about to place a sniper down because I'm getting no kills here.
Bro, Zoe has so much money, it's crazy.
Whoa. Chill with that.
Zoe?
Yeah, give me that money.
What?
Really? She placed down a Quincy. Who's saying hi? Yo, Shady, stop saying hi.
That was Mia, bro.
Oh.
Okay, bro. Who did that?
Who is getting all the pops right now?
Zoe, it's literally Zoe.
Oh my goodness. She's hogging them. What do we do?
I'm chilling.
Okay, Bougie, really? Really, Martin?
I like the placement they gave me.
Wait, I can unlock my submarine guy or my boat guy. Good thing I have water here.
Oh, it must be nice.
Mia and Zoe don't have any water to place in.
No water. I'm in the back left corner. Like, I'm in the worst
Well, you
spot.
have more space to place monkeys in. I only have options for water monkeys here.
I guess that's true.
So it could be a disadvantage. Who knows?
We be looking on the positive side.
True that. Okay, can we get a move on with these balloons? I'm trying to have it go through the full circle. Let's go. Run it.
Lock in.
Give me some more money. Yeah, tax shooter's getting to work now. See?
Some of us are broke back here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, brother, I ain't getting no money.
I'm at $1,000. What are y'all at? How does Zoe have the least amount of money out of all of us?
It's because I bought something.
I don't know what she be doing, bro.
That's crazy.
Hey.
Oh, nah, Bougie. Okay, now they're actually starting to get through, which is good. I'm placing the Quincy down.
Just give me my money.
Yeah.
Man, that's lame, bro.
Let's go. Now we got 2 Quincy's at the top. Finally, I can start raking in.
Dude, we are not gonna get any money, Shady, at all.
I can start raking in now.
Man, that's lame, bro.
Oh, come on.
Oh, yes, sir.
The money's fine, guys.
Is that an ice monkey at the front?
It sure is.
That's some good placement, Zoe.
That's what I'm saying.
That is some great placement. Now you can fit 2 monkeys up there next to each other, I think.
Ooh.
I'm not really sure. All right.
I should try that.
They're still not getting through, so I'm just going to keep allowing them to go. And I'm going to upgrade this guy with some enhanced eyesight as well. Why not?
All right.
Let's go. He's not really getting any work in. It's okay. It's okay.
No, we're not getting any work in. I probably have like 6 kills, bro.
Yeah, we should. I'm going to lock in with a sniper back here.
No, yo, you don't need one,
There we go.
bro.
Got a little sniper monkey. I need him.
Ain't no way.
And I'm going to upgrade him as well. Unlock for 120 XP. Boom. There we go. All right, run it. Now I got a sniper as well. Finally, I'm getting paid.
I'm broke.
Yo, can we get harder levels?
I'm so broke.
No. Martin the Bougie.
You know what? I'm actually glad Zoe's in the front because that's the most pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, true that.
Wait, what?
Zoe, you're going to have to lock in a little bit.
What?
You ready?
I don't know.
If we get lead balloons, you better stop them, bro.
I'm scared now.
Well, I guess they're all honestly getting destroyed, so.
Yeah, my monkey putting in that good work.
True. Quincy's doing a good job up there. Let's go, Quincy. All right, I'm gonna upgrade this tax shooter.
Yo, put some glue guys up at the front.
Okay.
Let's do long range, super range, boom.
Glue.
Oh, yeah. Nothing's getting past my tax shooter in the middle. Y'all made fun of the placement.
It is pretty horrendous, but you know.
It is some great placement.
It's all right.
Okay, Bougie. Oh, yeah.
I don't know what I want to get.
I'm starting to unlock all of my monkeys. I think I'm gonna get the cannon guy next. Ooh, or an airplane. I wonder if he can go over Zoe's area.
Whoa.
That might be a goated strat.
Deal with that.
Or the helicopter guy. I kind of want to save up for him, but he's pretty expensive. 1730. Whoa, those balloons are getting a little close, Zoe.
I'm kind of scared.
Now my monkey's goated.
Okay. We is chilling. We is chilling.
Are you sure?
Nothing's really getting past, to be honest. At least nothing yet.
Hey, we don't know yet.
We're about to be on round 40, though.
Let us lock in.
So we should lock in for those.
Not gonna lie, Zoe.
Goodbye, lead balloons.
That's a solid setup up there.
That's what I'm saying. I'm cooking.
How is this hard mode?
I think we're just goated.
I'm upgrading my sniper monkeys back here. Oh, yes, sir. Shady's got a good strat, too. He's got his mortar monkeys targeted on that start.
Yeah.
Hey, Cash, I put my banana farm on your side.
Dude! Dude! Why?
Banana farm.
Why would you do that?
It's on your side.
Really, Bougie? All right, well, guess what I'm about to place? If I have space for it.
Oh, no.
I don't think I have space.
This
Whatever.
is not good. This is not good. Slow it down.
I'll
Slow
place
it down.
it right here.
Oh, we are in bad spots. Bad spots.
Wait!
I'm scared.
Horrible spot.
Please, 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 please. Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in.
Yo, lock in, gang.
Erm.
Okay, Ward. Come on.
Okay.
We're
chilling.
All right. Who started that round without allowing us to...
Zoe!
Zoe, was it you again?
It wasn't me this time.
Wasn't me. I didn't start it.
That was not me.
It was Cash.
That was not me.
Play back the clip.
Yo, roll the clip. Roll the clip.
Roll the clip.
If it was me without paying attention, I would be really mad. Although we have cannons now. This time we only lost 4 health compared to whatever we lost last time. Like 40.
What? We didn't lose any.
As long as we have more and more cannons, the Moabs won't get near us. And I'm gonna upgrade this airplane guy as well.
We need some people on the camo.
Let's do
Okay, I'm scared.
rapid fire and exploding pineapples. Boom. Now he's gonna place exploding pineapples everywhere. Everywhere he goes.
Oh, great.
You got bananas landing on my section.
Yeah, I put my farm on your side.
Oh my, I need to get a farm.
Me too, honestly.
I can't have these bananas landing all the way over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, 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 yo. Now we're chilling.
I'm chill with that.
Ooh, monkey village. Thank you.
I'm pressing the button.
Bart.
I
I don't even think they're gonna get past your side, Zoe. Oh, never mind. They are.
I did not get to press the button.
My tack shooter's doing pretty well, though.
Okay.
He's kind of cooking.
I'm broke, man.
You're broke?
It's so hard to get kills back here, man.
No money.
I'm putting a monkey farm down. Dude, Mia is in my way. How is it on my side?
I know. It's so great.
Oh, really, Mia?
Okay, that's funny.
Just you wait.
No, don't put it down in the middle of the track, bro.
I really can't place it anywhere. I just have to place it right there, to be honest.
We're twinsies.
Increased production, give it to me. And we'll do easy collect as well. Why not? Easy collect. And I cannot buy increased production yet. I don't have enough money. Zoe's raking it all in.
True.
Money.
You know, you
money.
could at least donate a little bit. Little bit of money.
I don't know how to donate.
Nah, she's faking it because she does not want to donate her money.
I donated to you.
Thank you.
Let's go. We got a donation from Mia. Increased production bananas. Oh, yes, sir.
Only because I put my farm on your side.
Give me those bananas. Okay.
Banana time.
I don't know if I have enough money yet. Yeah, I definitely don't. But soon it's super monkey time.
Okay, Bo.
Okay, Boji. Super monkey time. Come on, let me place him. Let me place him right here. Who started it? Yo, guys.
Zoe.
Guys.
Guys, we were not ready.
Hey, that wasn't me, bro.
I do not have space to put this guy.
I don't know who did that.
Actually, I'm gonna put him right here.
Okay. Let's go.
I don't know if that was the best spot to put him at. I'm not gonna lie. Probably should have just put him at the start, but who cares?
Guys, as you're starting, I can't even buy stuff fast enough. Guys, we're gonna lose.
Slow it down. Oh, no, we're chilling.
I didn't do it this time.
Bro said we are chilling.
Okay. Let's have a little... Oh.
Bro said we are chilling.
We are not chilling.
All right, let's take some time to upgrade real quick.
Being chilling.
Guys, I got that 0 money right now.
I need to upgrade my production. Let's upgrade this guy. Boom. Now I got that upgraded, and I could put more monkeys down. I haven't used my water yet, so you know what?
Dude, your super monkey's pretty close to my side.
Yeah, well, your banana farm is on my side, so I don't want to hear it.
Fair enough.
Guys are fighting again.
Okay. Hot shot, double shot. Oh, give me those.
Yeah, respectfully, I'm Gucci right now.
Please press the button.
Oh, yes, sir. All right, let's run it.
Bowsy bustin'.
Now that I have the Buccaneer boatman, I think we're going to be good now. Well, I hope. If he actually does some work around here and stops laying down. Come on, bruh. I need those cannonballs to do some damage to the Moabs.
Come on.
I could probably put another cannon down, though.
Hey, yo.
You see how far through they're getting? Hey, Martin. Okay, Super Monkey's taking care of them. That's good. We need more cannons real quick. I don't like how close these Moabs are getting to us.
Agreed.
All right, we'll do bigger bombs, and I'll turn that into a missile launcher at some point.
Go.
All right, let's go. Okay, the Moab's dying a little quicker now, but it's still getting through for some reason, which I don't like.
I do not like that at all.
We need more cannons. Holy smokes, those balloons were fast. Did y'all see those?
I did.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ward. Okay, Boosh. I'm gonna see if I can get more cannons to deal with those Moabs. I'm level 27. Oh, yeah, I got monkey money. Guess what I just got?
What?
Oh, yeah. Okay, can I place it somewhere, please? Okay, you're going right there. Boom.
Oh, no.
We got the helicopter.
Ooh. Can I press the button?
And now I'm gonna get him to...
Present!
Wait, patrol points. All right, I'll do follow mouse and quad darts. Oh, pursuit. That's right. Okay, I'll wait to upgrade to that. For now, it's just gonna follow my mouse. Do not let him through. Do not let him through. Come on, helicopter. You got this. Yeah. Right now, he's just following wherever I tell him to go. Okay, let me upgrade him to pursuit. There we go. Now he doesn't have to follow my mouse anymore. Yes.
Yay!
I don't even know where my helicopter went. Oh, there he is. Look at him. See him following those balloons?
We boosh.
They can't even do anything. He's like glued on them. It's like aimbot. I love the helicopter, guys.
I know, right?
You know what? I like him so much, I'm gonna place another one. Boom.
Oh, no.
More helicopter. Let's go. Are they gonna get past now? I don't think so.
Cash your bananas.
Oh, yeah, I keep forgetting to collect those. I wish there was a way to not have to collect those guys.
You have to get the 3rd level on the bottom path.
Oh!
What are we gonna do?
Get the Moab. Get them. Oh, no. We good.
Are you sure?
I think we're good. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we got them. Let me upgrade this guy to have pursuit as well. Oh, it's $540. No, I don't have enough. Well, I'm gonna get enough right here. I'm just gonna keep the helicopters at the front. They're gonna do enough damage as they pass by, I think. Or at least I hope.
I think so.
We good over there? Yeah, we're good.
I think we're chilling.
Pursuit on that guy. Boom. Now I got 2 helicopters chasing them down. Look at that.
All right.
Ain't no Moab getting through me.
This is difficult.
Yes, sir. We're so making it to round 80.
Yeah, we cooking.
I hope so.
We're close to it. We have to.
Really?
Surely, right? At least with these helicopters, we should. Yeah, we should. All right, let me know if you guys want to make upgrades and we can wait in between a round.
Now we got it.
Okay.
But for now, I'm just going.
Yeah.
And collecting my bananas over here. I think I might even want a 3rd helicopter after this. You see how well they're doing?
They're overpowered.
They're so goated. I got a new hero. Obin Greenfoot.
Word.
I don't know if he's good, to be honest. Oh, gosh. We got a lot of Moabs this time. Never mind. They're not going to do nothing.
I hope not.
Yeah, I hope not. Nah, I wasn't even worried. See?
Let's go.
Are we going to get the red ones again? The red Moabs?
I hope not.
Where they at, though? I don't even see any balloons getting through. I'm not going to lie. I think they're just all getting stopped at the front there.
Yeah, I think we're good.
True that. I might place down some more monkeys in my circle because it's looking pretty empty. No, Mia's circle's looking empty. Look at that.
Bro, my banana farm gives us a life each round.
Okay, that's a lot of big balloons. Oh, look at the red ones. Look at the red ones.
Hey, yo!
Oh, no. All right, yeah, we should be good.
Are we going to survive this? Okay, let's slow it down just in case. I don't know if we're going to survive this, so Super Monkey, do some work, please.
Oh, gosh.
I'm going to place another cannon right here. Come on. Missile launcher.
Nah, I think we're good. We're chilling.
Okay, I'm going to turn that into a Moab Mauler.
Boom.
Look at him. He's golden now.
Nah, it's more of a yellow.
So hopefully if a Moab gets through, it just gets mauled by whatever that is. And if it doesn't, then we'll finish it off with the helicopters and everything else. Oh, yeah. See the Moab Mauler? He's going at it.
Let's go.
I'm gonna make this one the same one when I get enough money, of course. Right now, it'll just be a missile launcher, which is good enough.
Yeah, we gotta save up.
Yeah, I do need to save my money more. I've been using all of it whenever I get paid.
Same.
I'm not gonna lie, Mia's hero kind of scares me.
It be whispering in my ear.
Yeah, she's goated.
She makes creepy voice lines. Is that a fiery Moab? Yo, that one has like a protective shield on it.
I think we set it on fire.
Yo, let's go.
Oh, it was on fire. Okay, now I'm just hearing lead balloons get popped. They don't even stand a single chance. Look at this. Wart in the bougie.
This is easy.
I'm forgetting to collect my bananas also. Let me lock in right there. Come on, man. I don't really know what other monkeys I should be getting here, to be honest. Yeah, I think we're chilling. I don't think I need any more monkeys. I might just upgrade my super monkey when I get the chance. I could give him super laser vision, but it's also $2,000, so maybe it's worth waiting.
I upgraded my mermaid.
Where do you have a mermaid? Oh, is that your hero?
Now it's a squid.
Word.
Level up. I'm almost level 30. Holy smokes.
Poggers.
Let's go.
Oh gosh, here they come.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Headshot. I think we're good. The blue Moabs won't do anything. If there's a lot of red ones, though, we might be cooked.
Yeah.
Just maybe. Like these guys. Look at how strong that thing is.
That is overpowered.
Bart in the bougie.
Guys, should we be scared?
A little bit.
There's a net. Did I kill it? I don't know if I killed it.
Where's the net?
Sorry, I was distracted. I'm gonna place another helicopter real quick before we start this one. Actually, wait. No, I'm not going to. I'm gonna save up. Save my money. Who is saying headshot? Is that Quincy?
I think so.
Quincy, I don't want to hear it, bro.
I think it is.
You don't have to give us voice lines. We're already here by ourselves. What's on the last round of this?
Oh boy, I don't want to know.
I don't know, and I'm kind of scared.
I'm a little scared too. Before the last round, let's just put everything we got on the floor.
Yeah, good idea.
Make sure nothing can get past.
I agree.
Okay, yep. It's these red guys again. But they don't stand a chance.
Yeah!
Oh yeah! And I can finally upgrade my super monkey to have laser blasts. Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we can keep going. I'll slow it down if it gets a little scary, but it doesn't look like it's getting scary just yet.
I'm a little scared.
A little bit, but it's not too scary.
True beans.
Just a lot of Moabs.
A lot.
Yeah, I think we're good. I hope.
I think so.
Yeah, we're chill. We're chill. Okay, let's keep going. That's a lot of heart balloons. Holy smokes, those are quick.
Oh, no. Okay.
But they got destroyed. Oh my goodness, I have so many bananas I'm not collecting. Wart in the Martin. Hello. You guys can try and make it through, but you won't succeed. Yeah, that's right. Oh gosh, there's a big one. Those are big ones. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down real quick and I'm gonna add another helicopter. Hold on. Helicopter.
Oh gosh.
Attack. Come on. Pursuit. There we go. Now I got a third helicopter on there. So now we have 4 in total, I think. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that.
Let's go.
Yeah, bougie. You have unlocked the secrets of monkey knowledge?
We did?
I got a monkey knowledge point. Did y'all get that?
I didn't.
Yeah, those are really good when you level up.
Huh. Okay. Well, helicopters, go pursuit. Do all the work for me, please. Thank you very much. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, we're good. I thought for a second those were getting through. I was a little worried.
I think we should be fairly good. I have a lot of stuff updated to like MOB stuff.
Yeah.
Is that all you got?
We should take a second after this to upgrade anything we got and prepare for the last couple rounds. Because holy smokes, look at Shady Circle. That thing just destroys anything that comes by it.
I know, right? It's overpowered.
Yeah, it's huge.
Okay, here. I'm gonna add, I think, another super monkey. Oh, I don't have enough for another super monkey, actually.
Unfortunate.
Here, I could donate.
Oh, thank you. Now I got enough.
I'll give you $80.
$80?
Thank you, Zoe.
You're welcome.
Nah.
I wish I did not put this plane right here in the middle. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'll just place another super monkey here then. Best spot I could put it at, to be honest. And I'll put a glue gunner.
You should have just sold the plane.
Why? I like my plane. I'm gonna upgrade him as well. That's how much I like him. All right, y'all ready?
I think so.
All right, let's go. I'm just gonna be ready to slow it down. Let me slow it down if they get past. Because if we all click it, then it might just mess up it. I don't know if multiple people clicking is a good idea.
So far, so good.
Oh my goodness. These red balloons are so slow. The glue gunners are slowing it down so much. Look at them.
We're doing good on this round.
Yeah, we're actually doing really good. We're about to be on the final round.
Okay.
Okay, bougie. Okay, the last round's gonna have a lot of those red balloons.
Probably.
The red Moabs is just gonna be a whole line of them, so let's prepare for that real quick. I think I'm gonna get rid of my plane, and I'm gonna replace it with another helicopter guy.
Could someone donate me $11,000?
That's a lot.
$11,000?
I can give you $67.
Is that 1,100?
Okay, I put another helicopter down, and I want to put another cannon down.
It's 11,000.
Oh.
So what should I sell?
Oops.
Oh,
you got money.
I'm gonna sell my banana farm.
Yes, sir.
We don't need our banana farms anymore because this is the last round.
Yes, sir.
I'll place a cannon right here. Boom. And I'll turn that into a missile launcher, Moab launcher. Same with this guy right here. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have tons of Moab maulers here. Look at this. Boom.
Oh, you do that.
Boom. Moab mauler. And what else should I have? Hot shot on the boat guy. And I'll place another cannon right here. I don't know if I can make that a Moab mauler. Anyone can give me a little more money?
I got $0.
I give you all my money.
Oh, jeez. Shady, you got any cash on you?
I got 92 bucks. I gave it to you.
Oh, jeez. I don't think that's enough.
Sell your boat. Your boat's poop.
No. I'm not gonna sell the boat. I'm gonna sell my dart monkey. Goodbye. Missile launcher. I think that'll be enough for now. Yeah, it's fine for now. All right, let's go.
Final round.
I'm gonna slow it down. I'm slowing it down. Let me see this thing. What is that?
Oh, great.
Oh my goodness.
It's bloody huge.
That thing is huge. Wait, no, look, it's breaking.
Come on.
I don't think we're dead. It's just gonna have a lot of red Moabs inside of it. So let's be ready. Oh my, look at our helicopters too. This thing is not getting through us. We will not allow it.
Don't let it through.
Light it up.
Come on, break it. Break it faster, Moab maulers.
Come on.
Moab maulers, you need to hurry it up now. Okay. It got turned into red balloons. Now it's blue. Wait, this is good. This is good.
I think we win.
We're doing it. We're doing it.
Give us the win.
Come on.
Let's go. We did it.
Oh, yeah.
W Moabs.
Okay.
If you want to watch more videos like this, then click on the screen here. I promise you'd enjoy them. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1 million on this channel. If you want to see more videos like this, then drop a like. And if this hits 10,000 likes, maybe I'll do more. Either way, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Hey. So, I kind of have to leave for a flight in like 6 hours. We're finally going to VidCon. I'm so freaking excited. Goodbye, USA. Hello, California. Me, Nico, Zoe, Shady, Mia, and Alyssa are all going to be out there from June 19th to the 22nd. So, if you wanted to, you actually still have time to buy a ticket to see us. But unfortunately, since I'm going to be away from home, I can't record videos for the time being. I won't be gone long, but I just don't want to leave you guys in the dark about why I'm not posting here at all. Now, I know what you're going to say. Cash, why don't you just pre-record a bunch of videos to come out while you're gone? And my answer to that is because I don't want to. Now, don't worry. I'm not saying I don't want to record YouTube videos. I'm just saying I don't want to rush them. Remember my videos on the Cash Marco channel? I used to post some pretty funny content like reactions, story times. I watched edits that you guys made of me, literally everything. And I really want to start doing that again, but this time better. And that doesn't mean that gaming videos are gonna stop. I'm still gonna be posting a ton of scary games, recording funny videos with my friends, literally all that, but I just wanna make it better. I know you guys really like watching me and Shady play scary games together. Hey, Shady, don't you love playing games with me?
Yeah? Is that all you wanted to ask?
Yeah, I mean, I also kinda miss you, dude. How have you been?
Good.
Why do you sound like you're upset?
I'm in the bathroom right now. My stomach is about to explode.
Ah, ew, you're on the toilet?
Yes, dude.
Can I see? You guys probably don't know this about me, but ever since I was a little kid, I've always wanted to be a YouTuber who recorded scary games. I'm not sure what's wrong with me, but when it comes to like scary games, scary movies, literally anything horror themed, I'm addicted. Is that like a deeply rooted issue in my life? Maybe it's because my older brothers always used to hide around corners and like pop out and scare me, you know? Huh. Okay, anyways. off topic. I absolutely love this Cash Plays channel. I feel like I'm finally able to do all the videos I've always wanted to do. That's also how I feel about my other channels, okay? I love all my channels equally. I don't have a favorite child. But it doesn't matter what I think. I need you guys to love this channel. And trust me, I know just how to do that, okay? I get a lot of comments from people about wanting to get to know me more. Not just me online, but like me in real life. Like the really personal things. And I think it's finally time that I give that to you guys. But until I can keep that promise, I'm gonna stop myself from posting on here. This was us at VidCon last year, and this year is gonna be so different that it might even blow your guys' mind. To be honest, I actually think it's VidCon making me realize how much I actually want to talk to you guys. Like, imagine this, okay? We all make a group chat, and it'll be messy, I know. We all just need to figure out a time to have a group call. And yes, I know there's gonna be a lot of people in there, but if everybody just mutes their mic, this will work. We all can decide to like meet up somewhere, like a gathering point, maybe at a park, and then we all go to Shady's house. While he's in the shower, we go to his bedroom, and we raid his underwear drawer. Okay, and that's just an example. The possibilities are literally endless. But I hope you guys aren't mad at me for leaving you. I love you all. You know that. I just want to make better videos. That's all I've ever wanted to do. So give me 3 weeks and I'll be back better than ever. But the clock starts now. And in the meantime, we're going to go have some fun at VidCon. See you guys. Yep, you guys heard right. I'm about to go on a date. And maybe by the end of this, I'm going to have a really hot boyfriend. Girlfriend. This game's called Date Boy. And apparently we're going on a date, but I'm way too interested in playing a video game. That's all you need to know. Let's go ahead and start the game. Oh, it's all 8-bit style, by the way. This square is not from the video. Wait, what? How do I move? Oh, it's the arrow keys, isn't it? Okay, I'm stupid. So this is the game I'm playing. Oh, and it's getting, I think I'm starting to see the date part. Yeah, okay, hold on. I'm still locked in on the screen, though. Am I supposed to be doing something at this date right now? Because I'm kind of locked into my Game Boy. Okay, it's a little small.
Sorry I'm late. The subway got stuck at Ossington for like 20 minutes.
That's okay. Sure. Oh, no worries.
Oh, no worries.
Okay, let me beat this real quick. I need to lock in. E to focus? Oh, yes, please. There we go. Wait, how's your day been?
So, how's your day been?
I don't think she talked, right? Pretty terrible, actually. Oh, that's not good. Oh, jeez. How come?
Oh, how come?
Dude, this is hard. Okay, I need to listen to her.
Got engaged to her boyfriend who's, I don't know, he's kind of...
Yeah, that's interesting. That's cool.
Sorry, I don't know why I'm saying all this.
Hold on. I'm trying to beat this game right now. Can you, oh my goodness. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
It's okay.
Man, she's stuttering.
So, what about you? How was your day?
Yeah, it's
Hi, how are you guys
going
doing?
great.
Good.
Oh, is that the waitress?
Joining us today at Georgino's.
Oh my
where I
goodness, this
smile
jump is so
from
hard.
My head to my toes.
Ah, there we go.
Tomatoes.
Okay, this waitress is kind of annoying.
Are you ready to start with some drinks?
Yeah,
or
sure.
Would you like a few more moments to look at the menu?
Just a few more moments, please.
Are you ready?
Why are you talking to me right now? Yep. I'm ready. Okay, thank you.
I'll have the Pomodoro, please.
What is that?
And just water is fine.
I've never heard of a Pomodoro in my life. Isn't that a dog breed?
That's great with the water.
Yeah.
And what can I get for you?
Oh my goodness, you're asking me questions right now? Burger. Yes,
I'll
please.
get the burger.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry, sir. No burgers at Georgino's.
What?
What else could I get for you?
I'll get the margarita. Thanks.
This level is
that sounds
annoying me.
good. And a drink for you, sir?
Oh my goodness. Drink ginger ale.
Ginger ale. Thanks.
Okay, I'm locked. I got this now, watch.
I'll get those right out for you guys.
Thanks, Mrs. Waitress. You seem a lot happier. Wait, did somebody... What are you up to this break?
What are you up to this break?
What?
Oh, I just didn't hear what you said.
Well, I was just wondering what you're up to this break.
This is
I
so
had plans
frustrating.
to go back home to see family.
I'm
but
goated though.
That fell through, so...
This is like Minecraft.
Honestly, probably just work, and... Is it?
I'm not even
just
listening to
me,
what you're
or
saying.
Does that French couple keep staring at us?
They're staring at you. Didn't notice.
Oh, I didn't notice.
I don't care. They could stare at me.
I think they're staring at you.
Oh, is it because I'm playing my Game Boy? Well, they can mind their own business. Do you have any siblings?
I keep... Oh, sorry. You go. Go
This
ahead.
is awkward.
Oh, I was just gonna ask if you had any siblings.
Yeah,
No, I don't.
I need to focus real quick. I'm sorry. I can't keep playing on this small screen, dude. I'm just hearing mumbling right now. I don't really know what she's saying, but I'm trying to beat this level right now. Oh. Okay, it was annoying to play because wait. What? I don't even know what she said.
Cool she doesn't pester you for staying inside. My friends are always bugging me about that.
Yeah. Okay, this is impossible. How do I... What? Oh, what just happened? What is going on? Can a man play his game? Yo.
Oh my goodness, is everyone okay? A rare sight at Georgino's.
That was almost impossible, bro.
Here's the Pomodoro and water for the missus.
Oh, cool.
That was fast.
For the sir.
Oh, watch this
here's
jump, though.
the
Move! Yo!
margarita.
Move your arm! Oh my goodness. Oh, I got it.
And
Okay, eat the pizza.
Here comes the
You-
ginger ale.
You are not serious right now. Move your hand. Thank you.
Anything else for you guys? No? Bon appetito.
What's
I
wrong?
don't. What's wrong? She was in the way.
Oh, she was just in the way.
Yeah.
In the way of what?
My Game Boy.
Is everything okay?
Italian's my
Yeah, I
favorite.
mean, Italian is my favorite.
Oh God, am I cooking this date right now?
Oh, I didn't know you were left-handed.
Did somebody just fall next to me? Yeah, I'm
Oh,
left-handed.
Yeah.
Bro.
This is really good. How's your margarita?
Oh, it's great. Let me just keep eating some of it. It's okay.
Honestly, it's okay.
I'm so locked on this game right now. I'm gonna focus real quick. I'm sorry, lady.
I feel like I haven't gotten to know you at all.
You haven't gotten to know me.
Ask, what do you look for in someone? What do you value in a person?
Honesty.
I guess honesty,
Yeah.
full transparency.
Oh
I think
my.
That's nice.
Yeah, of course.
That's an impossible
I think
jump.
for me, I value someone who's attentive. I mean, I'm horrible at it. I get distracted all the time.
I'm totally
But I
not
think
distracted.
That's why I admire people who are just really able to be present with someone.
I think you're doing
Well,
great.
I think you're doing great.
Yeah, I'm good at this.
Just gonna squeeze
Don't.
by you there. And
Don't.
how'd you guys like it?
It was great.
I hate this waitress so much. Bad.
It was alright.
Well, we'll be closing shortly.
No.
Would you be ready to settle the bill? And will it be together or separate?
Oh, I thought you were open until 10.
Are we gonna make out
Apologies.
tonight?
Wednesday's
Together.
only until 9 at Georgino's.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I need to
Separate
beat
is
the
good,
game real
thank
quick. Hold on. I'm
Oh, well,
locked.
thank you guys. I hope you had a wonderful evening at Georgino's. Please come back soon.
Why do you sound like ChatGPT?
Come back soon to Georgino's.
Oh, you are an
So-
animatronic, aren't you, Mrs. Waitress?
So
You sound like an AI.
I guess that was really.
Yes.
Oh! I beat it.
You good?
Oh, yeah. No, it was really nice.
Do I
Well,
continue the date
it
now?
was great meeting you, and maybe we'll. Oh, that was. oh my God.
She was
I
playing the
was
game the
that
whole
like all
time?
morning. I mean, it's crazy how it's still running. Like, that's so
We're perfect
weird.
for each
I mean,
other.
you would think the screen would turn off.
Wait.
How did that happen? Anyways, yeah.
I was not expecting that.
I had a great time. I'm sorry about that. I don't know how that happened.
And that's it?
I think I'm just gonna go.
Okay, hold on. We gotta see what the other endings are like. What if I just completely butcher every single conversation? You know what? I'm not even gonna move. I'm just gonna stay here at the bottom where the lava is. I'm gonna keep falling all the way down. Let's see if I can die. I wonder if that's even possible. Sorry, I'm kind of buns at this video game right now.
This is fucking rigged.
Oh!
I don't think this is gonna work out.
What?
I'm just gonna go.
Well, okay. I guess if you lose, that's what happens. Let's try and just not respond to anything she says now. All right, I'm gonna do well on this game, but I'm most definitely not gonna respond to you, Mrs. Lady. The game is all I care about. I'm sorry.
Hi, sorry I'm late. The subway got stuck at Arlington.
All right, I'm not talking to you. I'm just gonna let that slide. Let's see what happens. I should unfocus. I didn't respond. Oh. Well, that just fell. Does she just not care? What if I just don't talk whatsoever? Is nothing gonna happen? Oh, it's getting awkward. I'm not saying anything to you. Sorry.
Okay, well.
I'm ignoring her.
Oh, I just remembered that I have this thing.
This is impossible.
I need to go.
Wait, what? You need to go? The date's over again. Okay. Really, bro? Okay, now I'm just gonna try and choose all of the wrong options. I'm just gonna keep saying like what and huh. I just gotta make sure I don't die to this again or else I'm gonna rage. And then the date's gonna end a lot quicker than I expected.
Hi, sorry I'm late. The subway got stuck at Ossington for like 20 minutes.
Okay. Sorry, what?
Sorry, what?
Oh, I just said there was a delay in the subway.
Oh, cool. I'm just gonna make her repeat everything she's saying. Did you say something?
Say something?
No, I didn't.
Oh, jeez. This is bad. This is why I don't go on dates.
How's your day been?
It's been pretty terrible, actually.
Pretty terrible. Huh?
I just said my day was pretty terrible.
Oh. Yo, and the guy's falling. Guys, I just realized stuff breaks whenever you mess up.
What about you? How was your day?
Hi, how are you guys doing? Good? Thanks for joining us today at Georgino's, where I
Okay.
smile from my head to my toes. Tomatoes. Are you ready to start with some drinks, or would you like a few more moments to look at the menu?
Oh, are you ready?
Am I ready? For what?
For what?
Are you ready to order?
Oh, the candle just went out.
Is something distracting you?
Nothing's distracting me. Oh, gee. I'm cooked.
I guess if you aren't gonna... I'm just gonna go.
Oh, wait, no, she's leaving? No! Okay, so it looks like no matter what I do, the date just ends up being over. I don't know what else, is there any other mode on here? Let me see. If I go down... Oh, it's just easy and normal mode. What if I just spam focus and then unfocus? I wonder if she even notices this. Can I glitch out the
Hi,
game?
Sorry I'm late. The subway got stuck at
Oh, it's weird.
20 minutes.
Can I look up? My bad.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, it looks like focusing and unfocusing doesn't really do anything. I thought this game was going to be a lot longer, I'm not going to lie. But that was pretty fun. If you guys remember that game I played where I had to play my game and my mom couldn't catch me, it's pretty much the same thing. I really hope that they like extend this game as much as possible and make it a whole storyline. It would be kind of cool, honestly. Imagine you leave the restaurant and then you go into the taxi and you have to play your game. I don't know. I think there's a lot of potential, but that was fun. That was actually a really short game, to be honest. So, not really sure what to do now. Maybe I should go on a date in real life? No.
Today, we're back on Gartic Phone, and we came up with the funniest prompts to give each other so that we were forced to draw them. First, we played a game of telephone, where you have to try and keep the prompt the same no matter what. And then we played knockoff, where you basically have to copy someone else's drawing, but you only get like 5 seconds towards the end. This video was hilarious. We're back on Gartic Phone, and the first thing we have to start with is a sentence that someone else is gonna draw. So I need to think of something funny. And what do I want to see? I'm gonna do something like this. I feel like this would be kind of funny to see. Boom.
Okay, I did something funny.
All of us have to write a good enough sentence so that we can actually draw something, and I hope I get a really funny prompt. All of you guys better write some really good stuff.
I wrote a good sentence.
Okay.
Oh, mine is not a sentence, but I like it.
I'm gonna cook on my drawing.
What is this?
This is my sentence at the top. Wait a second. How am I supposed to do that? Okay, I think I can, actually. Let me lock in. Start with the landscape as always. Paint bucket tool is kind of buns. And then we fill that in. We're gonna do the sky behind at a lower opacity. Fill that in.
Dang, you full tryharding, huh?
Oh yeah, full tryhard mode.
Yeah, he sound like he ultra locked. Like, bro, chillax, dog.
Okay, really?
Chillax, dog. It's not that serious, dude.
I need to figure out what this thing actually looks like. Okay, wait. So this animal kind of looks like this. Boom. And then I gotta fill all that in. I'm gonna do the main outline of it first. Got some big old ears. Boom, like that. And then, oh geez. I forgot how I'm gonna draw the rest of this. I'm just gonna try like that. Oh geez, that might be a little buns. It's okay. Stubby legs, like that and that.
We haven't even gotten to the main drawing yet. What am I doing?
Yeah, honestly, I haven't either, but it should be fine. Fill that in. Oh geez. Okay, this is starting to look a little buns. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot that I was at a lower opacity. Oops. I did not mean to do that. Can I just fill this in? Ah, that looks alright. Let me try and go in with like a gray or something. Make that look a little better. Ah, that looks buns.
I'm kind of stressing right now.
I am too. I'm not really sure how this is gonna look in the end. And I don't have a lot of time.
Mine is nowhere near done.
Oh, neither is mine. This is actually kind of bad. Lock in. There we go. Let's add a stripe here and here. And then maybe some like eyeballs. Oh, geez. Yo, it's already ringing at me.
I think mine's solid.
I don't know if mine is solid. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, mine's really bad.
I gotta do a stick figure. I gotta hurry up.
Oh, mine is so bad.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I do the face at least? Okay, boom. Face right here. And some hair on top. I think I did it.
I'm so sorry, Zoe. I'm so sorry.
What did you do to it?
I had to rush so much. Oh, I know what this is.
What is it, Cash?
I'm not really sure if it's just one word or if I do something else.
I don't know what this is, bruh.
I hope you didn't get mine.
I'm just gonna do one word for this. Boom.
I think I got shady, dude.
Oh yeah. I feel like Zoe's the one that put this one down. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what is this sentence I was supposed to do? Who wrote this? This is crazy. Okay, this is kind of messed up, but I'm gonna draw it anyways. I gotta do a line at the bottom here, like that. And then we do a wall, making this all look 3D and stuff. It's kind of cool. I think I'm trying too hard on the background though. I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, you're doing background?
Yeah, I'm making a cool looking background right now. But the drawing itself is kind of messed up. So I gotta make sure that I actually cook with this. We're gonna start with that. That looks pretty good. And then we gotta fill that in with the paint bucket. Boom. Okay, pretty good so far.
Dude, what is this? My drawing is so buds.
Now what? Okay, now it's this side of the image. I realized that I run out of time super quickly, so I can't focus too much of my time just on small details. I gotta get the whole gist of it going. We'll do an arm on this side, and then we gotta draw some jeans. We'll do that in a lighter opacity. Boom. Although wait, wait, no. He doesn't wear jeans. He wears these. Perfect. Now we gotta go back to the skin color and do that. One on this side and then some legs. I know it's not filled in. I'm gonna fill it all in a second. Just trying to get every little bit. Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'm done.
Already?
Easy.
I don't know, Zoe always a speedrunner drawer, and then she's also really good.
I know. That's crazy. Okay, that looks good enough. Add some hair on here. Oh, geez. Oh, this is bad. You know what? I'm just gonna make it look like this. Yeah. Okay, and then this is kind of morbid, but I gotta add some of this and then some of this like that, and then the mouth, I guess.
Oh, mine is so good.
Okay, I did it. I think that makes sense.
I ran out of time.
Oh, what is this? What am I looking at? Well, if I were to put a sentence for it, I'm gonna do in front, I don't really think this is the sentence. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to figure out what the sentence before this could have been, but I'm going with that.
Dude, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna be real.
I don't really know what mine is either. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh no.
Yo, what? Okay, I have to do another one.
I don't know if I can even draw this.
I don't think I could draw mine either, but I will. You know I cook.
All right.
What in the devil?
We'll do one of these, fill that in, and then we'll do one of these, and then fill that in. Now I gotta do a huge mouth like that. Paint bucket tool, you gotta save me here. I'm not gonna lie. Do some teeth like that all around, and then an evil looking eye like this. Yeah. Now I just gotta get an arm. I'm gonna make that a darker color actually, like that. And then some little legs. I know this is a little plain right now, but I'm trying to make sure it actually makes sense before I do anything else. Do some eyes, sad face, and then some arms. And now we can do the details because I have time. I actually did this really quickly.
I'm not cooking right now. It's not good.
Oh, now you gotta lock in. I was cooking previously, but I just didn't have enough time. Okay, these details are kind of buns too. I thought they were gonna look a lot better in my head, but I think you can tell what it is anyways, so it doesn't need that much detail no matter what. Let's fill that in. And I think this is the quickest I've finished one. I am so chilling on time.
Okay, speedrunner.
Oh yeah, speedrun time. Boom, I'm already done. I'm never done with drawings that quick.
No, what is this?
Okay, mine's kind of buns.
This is not it.
The hands do not work.
What am I drawing? I messed up so bad.
I'm about to see some buns looking drawings. But this is the last round, so we can see what everyone did.
No way. Oh no, this is bad.
It's time to check. We're gonna start with mine. So I put the sentence, Zoe yelling at an old man.
Yelling?
We're gonna see if it sticks till the end. So Shady got it, and he drew her yelling at an old man.
Yo, what is Zoe holding though?
It looks like she's holding a gun.
She's pointing at him.
Zoe yelling at a grandpa? Question mark?
I did not know.
Honestly, that was pretty close. Oh, that's pretty good. Why does her face shape look like that?
I would never yell at a grandpa.
Okay, what is this? Zoe yelling at an old lady. It does kind of look like an old lady. I'm not gonna lie.
I did a lady, my man.
Why did I read something else?
Yo, is she killing the old lady?
What in the world is that, my brother?
What in the world?
Why did I read something?
The prompts kind of stayed the same, except it turned into her killing an old lady.
What is that thing, bruh?
Oh, geez. Yo, Zoe became evil. All right, Mia started with the peanut eating a peanut.
Oh no!
And then Nico drew this. Nah, what is that?
Yeah, and you know, I'm the GOAT.
The peanut licking a peanut. That is basically what it looked like.
I fumbled.
I had to replicate.
Zoe did that. Oh, that's pretty good.
I like it.
I like it. And Mr. Peanut put the peanut eating a baby peanut. Honestly, not bad. That's what I saw, so I drew this. I did the best I could, okay?
Is that my son?
Okay, that looks like eating though.
Yeah, it could be your son.
I didn't know I had one.
I thought you had two.
Oh yeah.
Now it's time for Mr. Peanut. He put Nico riding a llama with a birthday hat.
That is long.
This is the first one I got, so I drew that.
Just wait until you see mine, bruh.
Okay, Nico said Nico riding a llama. Yo, you forgot the birthday hat.
Well, I didn't know.
Oh, nah. What is that?
Dude, okay, I got this one and I was confused.
Oh my gosh. Nico on Clyde.
Clyde is not built like that, bro.
All right, Mia, what did you put? Oh.
I didn't know what this is.
What the heck is that, Mia?
He's squishing Clyde.
You smushed him.
Oh, poor Clyde. He got crushed.
Yo, Mia.
What sentence did you put, Zoe? A labubu.
A labubu.
Who's the one that drew this?
I tried.
Honestly, it was pretty good.
It's a labubu.
That's definitely a labubu, so I just put labubu.
It's a labubu.
You forgot the A.
Yo, my bad. Maybe it'll cook at the end, though.
You guys are so good.
Labubu.
I like it. Labubu. See? We all think the same way.
A day.
Mr. Peanut. Oh!
Those are so much better than mine.
And you had the most time, Mia.
I tried.
We actually kept the time. That was pretty good. All right. Shady sentence was the peanut getting cracked and leaking peanut oil.
What?
Ew. Oh, yo. Yo, poor Peanut.
I cracked him, dude. That's me.
I feel bad. Shady killing the peanut.
And then I looked at this and I went, what?
I know. I drew this.
Oh my god. That's gruesome, dude. What the heck?
I'm dying.
He got stabbed. I feel bad. Shady killing the peanut.
Oh my god.
And Zoe put, oh my goodness.
Dead.
That is really good.
Am I okay?
I don't think you're okay. I think you got killed.
Tina, I think I cracked you, bro. I'm sorry.
Okay, finally it's Nico's. Let's see. Peanut dancing with an alligator.
Wait, why'd I get something different?
Oh, nah.
Oh. That was a really good drawing.
I'm scared.
The peanut dancing with an alligator in Crocs.
You got the one after me.
Okay, Mia put this. Oh, this is what I saw.
Oh.
I saw this, so I said peanut dancing in front of a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's what I got, bro.
I didn't know that it was supposed to be with him. Oh.
Oh no.
That's so funny, bro.
It kind of kept its theme.
What is that alligator, bro?
Mia's alligator is the worst thing I've ever seen.
I tried so hard on the peanut.
The peanut was actually good.
I like it.
That alligator, bro. What is that?
It was an alligator, guys. He's an alligator.
Okay, now we're playing knockoff, where you have to copy the drawing before you, but you're gonna get less and less time as it goes on. But we're starting with our first one, so I can draw whatever I want. I don't have to copy anyone. So what do I want to draw? I think I know. I'm gonna start off with a nice background. I got all the time in the world to draw this, so I'm not gonna rush too much. We're gonna get some brown, and I'm gonna put that into dirt like this. And then fill that in. I'm adding a ton of detail to mine. That's just gonna make it harder and harder as time goes on, though.
Mine's gonna be difficult.
Yeah, no, mine is too. I'm just warning y'all.
Oh, we're making them difficult, I see.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, no, Zoe, you don't do that.
Good to know. Good to know.
Oh yeah, if Zoe makes them difficult, we're cooked.
Well, we're done for.
No, it's okay. I can still replicate whatever Zoe makes.
Yeah, me too.
I can't.
I'm drawing a cool little guy. I'm doing a little broccoli fella. I like him. Maybe the outline's too thick though. Let me make it a little smaller. There we go. Okay. He's gonna be really happy too. He loves his life. And he really hopes that none of you guys mess him up after he's done being drawn.
Now you don't gotta make me feel bad.
He's gonna be very sad if he gets messed up. That's all I'm saying.
No!
Don't mess him up now. His name is Broccoli Head.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why don't you just name him Brock?
I like that idea more.
I like it.
I'm gonna give him a little nose and then some little legs. One here and one here. And he's gonna be so happy. Look at him. He's such a happy little broccoli guy. Now I can give him some shading. We'll add little dots everywhere because that's how broccoli looks, I think. Just little speckles everywhere. And we'll do some on his face too, like that. Give him a lot of different details. Maybe I should give him some cool shoes since I got the time too. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Let's go in with blue. Oh yeah. Okay. Shoe number 1. Boom. Shoe number 2. He's kind of dripped out. I'm not gonna lie. All right. There we go. Now we gotta add some detail on it though. Some socks above. Little black outline around the entire thing. Okay. Maybe the outline did not cook. Never mind. Maybe I just do a stripe instead. Yeah. You know what? Something like that. That looks good. Okay.
I'm gonna make it a little easy.
You're making yours easy?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, I guess I'm done too. I don't really know if I like the shoes that much though. I think actually with this outline it looks a lot better.
Mine's hard.
Well, I can replicate it. Don't worry.
Now you won't have the time to do the details.
Nah, I'm a cook. I'm doing an outline on my guy now.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Something ain't right. Alright, outline is pretty much done. We're running out of time, but it's fine. Hold up, wait, that rhymed.
Oh, nah. Somebody stop him.
Nobody can stop me. Broccoli Man is done. I love it. Let's add some tiny little clouds just to make it a little harder on the next person. Oh, yeah?
I'm really maxing out on this time right now.
Me too.
Yeah, I don't really have much else to add, so I'm gonna click done.
Okay, I'm done. Submitted. GL next player, GL.
Well, we still got a lot of time, don't worry. But this is kind of when the chaos starts.
Okay, I did it.
All right, let's go. Time's up. What? Wait, this is awesome. Oh, I did not remember that at all. Oh gosh, I forgot. Okay, well, I think I can still cook. I think it started with like this color right here, and then I gotta do a big circle like that. Okay, perfect. We'll add some shading, of course.
Who did this one, bro? This was so easy.
Probably me. Mine was bad.
Oh, that's some W shading I just did. Oh yeah. And now we'll go in and add a bunch of these. One there. Actually, kind of gotta lock in right now. Fill that in. Boom, boom, boom. Now we gotta do. Oh geez, that's the paint bucket tool. Oops. Okay, like that and like that. I'm trying my best here. I'm not gonna lie. It might not look good though. Oops.
Okay, I'm done.
How?
Because I got an easy one.
You got an easy one? Nah, I'd never be getting the easy ones. Whoever did this drawing cooked on theirs.
I really forgot what my prompt was.
I did too. I did not spend enough time looking.
Oh, we're out of time. We're out of time. No time, no time, no time.
No time.
No time?
You know, I just gotta go with this. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I may have fumbled.
I forgot the background, but you'll know next person. You'll know.
Oh gosh. Okay, that was not good.
Oh, what is this?
Wait, this is low-key kind of easy. I can do this real quick. I gotta use the line tool to my advantage. Boom, fill that in. And then there was one of these, one of these, one of these. Wait, I forgot what was on the other side of this. Was it a tree?
One of these, one of these.
I actually forgot what was on this side of the image.
Oh man, time. No time, no time.
Oh my goodness, no time.
That's what I'm saying.
Yo, okay, we get black. We do one of these. I think it was like a tree. I'm just gonna put that in the middle here. Oh geez. Oh, this is so not good. Yeah, we are running out of all of our time right now.
No time, no time, no time.
Oh, what is this? I'm supposed to to draw. Okay, yellow. I don't know. Okay, fill that in. I'm stressing out.
I'm stressed.
I'm so stressed. All right, one here, one here. Paint bucket tool.
What did I just get, dude? What is this?
Oh gosh. Oh, I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked right now. Yo, no time.
Dude, I can't even finish this one.
Oh my god, what is this? Yo, what did I just get? Okay, I could draw that. Actually, I'm chilling. I forgot that I'm goated at this game. Boom.
You locked in.
I'm locked in.
It's getting to the point where you're just using shapes.
No, for real.
Okay, one of these, and then boom, one of these.
Bro, the last one that I just did, bro.
Oh, nah.
I just shrunk it by so much.
What is this?
Oh my gosh, dude.
Yo, what did that even look like? I don't even know.
Shady, I think I got yours, bro.
I actually finished this last one like way quicker than I expected. All right, let me lock in.
I don't even remember what this was. I didn't look.
Yeah, I don't remember mine either. Okay, boom. There we go.
Okay, I don't know what happened there.
I did pretty good.
All right, let's see. I started off with my broccoli guy. Look at him, he's happy.
Ooh.
Hey!
Now we'll see what he turns into. Okay.
I couldn't do the background.
Paint bucket, Mia.
I forgot.
Yeah, paint bucket is your friend. No, what is that?
Oh, Nico.
Dude.
Okay, I couldn't even finish this one. I didn't have any time.
It's getting worse. Oh, he lost his face. Peanut, did you bring it back?
Nope.
No. Oh gosh, he doesn't have a face anymore, or legs or arms. Ah.
You lost everything.
Oh gosh. Okay, honestly, not bad though. Let's see this one. Oh, this is the snowman one. There was a present on this one?
Yeah, I didn't have time.
Oh, okay. He lost a little quality. That's what I saw, so I drew this. Tree lost its leaves. Oops. We got no more tree anymore.
This is just how winter goes, you know?
Look at this, bro.
What is that?
I shrunk it, bro.
Oh my god. Yo, that went really plain.
Wow.
Just shapes at the end. All right, what about Zoe's? Oh, that's what it started as.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
What happened to my bunny?
Oh, nah.
Hi, I'm SpongeBob.
Did you say pink SpongeBob? Nah, Mia, what is that?
I tried.
Oh my god.
Look at this, bro. Whoa.
Ew. He just turned creepy.
Bro, is he from Roblox?
Okay, bruh. Nico used the shapes, so I did the same thing.
Oh. Shapes are so funny.
Why is mine better than Nico's though? Look, he got eye sparkles.
I'm crying. That's so funny.
All right, Peanut, what did you start with?
Ew.
You were the one who did this?
Baby.
I thought it was gonna be shady. Ugh. Ew, it's so nasty. It looks like a water fountain in that.
What?
Zoe, what?
I didn't know what else to do. I just remade.
She somehow cooked. And then Nico did this one. Oh, okay, yeah. Nico just lost all the quality. That's what I saw, so I drew this. Did someone have one after me? Oh, yeah, Mia did.
I tried my best.
Toilet.
Ah!
I couldn't get the poop.
Yeah, the poop was gone.
Oh, no.
My drawing is so buns, bro.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it looks like an Among Us chasing him down.
Oh, this is what it was.
Oh.
This is the one that I got, so I had to reference that. Yeah. Honestly, I replicated it, though.
That's me.
Oh, wait, that was yours, Peanut. I think I replicated it pretty well.
Oh, okay.
It's like the same 3 drawings.
Yeah.
It's a bird's eye view now.
I'm sorry.
This is what I got, and I didn't know what that was.
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness.
Yo, that's kind of cool. The perspective changes.
I know the perspective. It's like a movie. Bro got ran over and then it got the Breaking Bad view, bro.
Drone shot. All right, now it's Nico's. He did. Oh, you're the one who did this one.
Dude, I was going to say who did a Solar Smash thumbnail, bro.
Dude, that's fire.
That was actually really good, but I did not cook on mine. I didn't have time. I didn't have time. Why do I look like a planet?
What is that?
No time.
Yo, the Earth turned into a cookie. Oh my god.
Thank God Zoe saved us.
Dude, they keep getting closer. They're going to kiss.
Wait, are they gonna kiss?
Oh.
What happened? Wow.
I don't know.
That one was definitely the hardest one to draw. Jeez.
Yeah.
I'd actually say pretty accurate.
Yeah, no, you need to be a thumbnail designer, bro.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Today we played a Mushroom Tycoon in Fortnite, where basically you have to generate money in a building and it can give you cool stuff like weapons to fight each other. I'm not gonna lie, once we got the weapons, I just started fighting the Toast Miner. I needed my revenge. Either way, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. All right, it's time to claim my tycoon. That's me.
Hey,
And you got yours over there. If this is just like a Roblox tycoon, I'm guessing we start with a free item right here, the conveyor, right? Oh,
Yeah.
I lagged, but it showed. Okay, mushroom pipe, and the next one's 15 bucks. But I'm starting to make money already. Look at that thing generating in there.
Yeah, I'm bougie right now.
If you hit it with your pickaxe, you gain $1 every single time.
It goes up as you buy more stuff.
Okay, hold on. So let me get a $15 mushroom pipe. That goes all the way up there. And now I'm getting 9 money per second. If you look above my money bar right there on the left side, it shows how much I'm getting per second. And we're already up to 9. Mushroom generator.
Jeez.
That didn't up my money, but I'm not sure what this thing does. Whoa, wait, what? So there's one generator for money and then one generator for mushrooms. I don't know what mushrooms do though.
Yeah, I'm not too sure yet.
Maybe I should try and grind it out a little bit. I don't really know why I'm grinding mushrooms. There's really nothing you could buy here with it. I might as well just keep adding onto my money farm since that's what I can actually buy stuff with.
Yeah, I'm not too sure what to get next.
Now I'm getting $44 a second. Okay, that's going up quick, yo.
Okay, Mr. Booge.
Okay, Bougie. Let me get up to $1,000 real quick, and then I can buy a conveyor worker. Yo, what is this going to look? Yo, what is that guy?
Why does he look like that, bro?
Yo, he's got a unibrow and a beard on him.
Oh.
He's a little mushroom worker. Okay, I kind of rock with him though. I like him. Oh wait, and I see I can buy over here a statue for 500 mushrooms, and I already have enough to buy it. What does the statue do? It's a golden mushroom. Really? I just spent mushrooms just to get a dumb statue like that. Okay, maybe it's not dumb. Maybe it'll actually help. And I just bought the walls of this place. That makes it a lot more like a factory now.
My place is crazy, bro.
Now we really get into work over here. Wait, let me go see what Mia's got rolling. Oh, you just got walls.
Yeah, I have walls and a door.
Never mind. I spoke a little too soon. Protecting door. If y'all try and walk through this thing, it'll probably kill you.
Yeah.
But I can turn it off if I just hold G right here. Oh, there we go. Now it's green. You guys can walk in if you want. I better not see the miner come in here with a gun and start shooting me. I have a feeling he's probably gonna do that. Okay, I have $5,000. Let me get the generator level 2. Boom. Okay. Yo, miner, what you doing in here? Yo, he's pickaxing me. How did I know that was gonna happen?
Oh.
Watch it, miner. Watch it. Oh, you're stuck in my base now. If you just stick somebody inside your base and then you turn on the wall, they'll just die as they try and get out.
Dude, my base is OP now.
Well, I had the miner come in and try and kill me, so I'm a little bit behind. So let me grind a little bit. I'll get up there. As long as he can't find his way in through the top, because that would probably be the worst. All right, conveyor. Boom. Mushroom pipe. I've got enough for that too. Wait, can I connect to all these mushroom pipes? I could try to do that real quick. Let me just grind to $5,000 real quick. I'm already getting 150 per second. I've gone up so quickly.
I'm spinning a wheel. I've already unlocked the lucky wheel.
What? How in the world did you spin a wheel?
Well, you gotta unlock everything.
I just unlocked a lumberjack mushroom. He's getting me plus 25 a second. Wait, lumberjack items. Ooh, now he's got stuff to work with. Okay, do your thing. Do your work. There's an AFK dance zone over there. I'm not really sure if that's too worth it yet. It doesn't sound like it's gonna make me money, so I'm just gonna keep grinding this thing out. Okay, we're at 10,000. This should be enough to do something good over here, right? Yes, mushroom pipe. Boom. Anything else over here? Oh, another one. I need 10,000 for it real quick. Give me just 1 second. 10,000 should be easy to get. And yeah, I was right. I'm already there. Perfect. All right, mushroom pipe. Boom. We got a whole ecosystem going on here now. And I can upgrade it for another $5,000. What if I just sit here for like a minute straight and I just let this thing rack up money?
You'd probably get a lot.
Well, I'm just gonna sit here. I don't gotta do anything except hold down my mouse button.
Okay, Booze.
I'm looking over at your base now. I'm getting jealous. All right, I'm going to upgrade my stuff.
Yeah, I got a lot of stuff.
I can get a conveyor worker for 20,000. Do I want that or the upgrader? Okay, I can get both. Let me just grind up to 20,000. The more workers you have, the way more money you make. I'm already at 319 a second.
Yeah, I have a lot of money.
Heart in the bougie. 17,000, 19, and 20. Yes. All right, conveyor worker. I need you to do some work for me. You look the exact same as the last guy, but I'm hoping you work a little harder. Oh, and I can get another mushroom statue for 5,000 mushrooms. What is the point of that? Why do I want statues in this place?
I don't know exactly.
If it's not making me money, I don't want it. What I really want is this generator level 3, but you need 150K for that. Imagine how much money that probably makes you.
Yeah, no, I'm like sitting here waiting. I need that money.
Are you trying to grind for it?
Yeah.
What? There's still so much more stuff to buy here, like a mushroom garden and stuff.
For you.
Wait, you already bought it?
Duh.
No way. How in the world? Wait, catch the bug. What do you mean catch the bug? Wait, I found a new bug. Apparently you can catch bugs around this place, and if you get 20, it gives you something cool. Yo, is the miner trying to get in? Yo, the miner's trying to get in here. He's trying to shoot me through the wall. Ooh, another bug. Gimme. I got 2 out of 10. So apparently it's not 20. It's actually just 10. I'm gonna find all those. Hey, yo, miner, can you chill over there? Can we please cut it out with the shooting, bruh? I don't even have a weapon to use against you right now. Oh, how are you hitting me? How are you hitting me? I don't get it. I don't get it. Hey, you can't hit me. Look at you. Oh, okay. Okay, it hurts. It hurts. Miner mushroom. Wait, I just bought a miner mushroom. Look, it's you. Toast miner, it's you. Chill. Hey, yo, chill. Miner items. Oh, I don't want to buy the miner more items. Yo, walk through that door. Bruh. All right. You want to play that game?
Ooh, he killed you.
I know exactly how to counter you, miner. Let me get back over to my base. Yeah, try and go inside. I'd like to see you try. It's a red wall. You'll die if you even go in there. Yo, you think I'm going to respawn in there? No! Oh, you can't get me. You can try and reach me, but you won't be able to. Where are you going to shoot me from now? Oh, where are you you shooting me from? I don't get it. How do you even see me? Bruh. Okay, you want to play that way, huh? Just wait until I get a weapon. It's gonna be all over for you. And he's running back to his base. All right, I should probably start sprinting. I'm pretty sure you get infinite sprint in this game, so I don't know why I wasn't using that the entire time. You still trying to shoot at me over there? How about you work on your own base?
You're gonna end up dying.
No, I won't. Wait, dance to get more money. Okay. Hey, I'm getting plus 120 a second.
You just unlocked that?
All right, I'm pretty sure I'm getting up there. I'm at $242,000, which means I have enough to buy generator level 3. Finally.
Jeez.
And level 4 is 2 million. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Don't tell me you already bought it.
No, I haven't bought it, but I bought that a long time ago.
Wait, what?
I've been at Generator 3.
How are you that far ahead? I don't get it. All right, that's it. It's time for me to grind now. I'm getting all these mushrooms out here.
It's because I sit at the money machine and I hit it.
I can earn metal with these mushrooms. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Wait, how in the world did you get guns? How did the miner kill me?
Open the arena.
The arena? Oh, is that over here? Wait, what? I don't know where the arena is.
Once you unlock the other room, then you should be able to unlock the arena.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, then it's time for me to grind, because I got nothing else to do but sit here and swing my pickaxe at a money generator.
Dude, I know.
Okay, I'm getting bored. I want to go get a gun so I can kill the toast miner. Hold on. Give me another mushroom. Oh, the next metal mushroom costs $300,000. Martin the bougie. Okay, it's fine. At least I can buy some pets. What do these things do? Oh, these are cool. They also give metal. I don't really want those, though. I want the arena over here. This is what I'm looking for. Hey, I got a pistol. What's up now, miner? What's up now? You think you're so tough and strong over there? Well, I got my own self-defense now. So if he tries to pull up on me, it's gonna end badly for him. It just took me a while to find out where it was. You know what I mean? Miner, where are you at?
Oh, gosh.
I have a feeling he... Oh, I see him. Oh, take that. Oh, what's up? Yo, miner, I know that hurted. I'm getting out of here. Goodbye, toast miner. Oh, he's low. Yo, you thought you could pull up on me? Oh, really, Martin? Yeah! I got my get back. Wait, I got $200 for that, too. So it pays to kill in this game, huh?
Please do not kill me, bro.
Okay. Yo, I see the miner over there. Hey, back away. You trying to shoot me? You try to shoot me? That's not gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Where's he at? Oh, nah. I know you're hurting more than me. Come on. He's so low. Wait, you have a shotgun? Oh, nah. Yo, is he healing over there? No, get away. You can't just heal like that. Oh, you're missing. Oh, you're missing. Die. Oh, miner. Yo, how are you healing over there? What? You have a shotgun and an AR and healing? Since when could you buy that from the arena? Why'd I not do any of that? It's okay. I got him low with just my pistol. And I know he's still hiding around here. Oh, what you gonna do now? You can't use your shotgun from that far of a distance, dude. Come on. He's so close to dead. Let me kill you so I can focus on grinding again. Is he shooting me from the other side? Wait, I wonder if I can get on top of here. Oh, I can. Oh, that's sick.
I got a new gun. Let's go.
Really?
Yeah, I got,
Yo, the miner got in. How'd you get in?
machine.
Bruh. All right, that's it. I'm getting better weapons. I've had enough. Dude, miner, get away, bro. You are obsessed. Let me through my own... Why can I not walk through my own base? This is so weird. All right, let me get a new weapon here. Wait, what? 25,000 for a burst SMG? What is that gonna do? Bro, where even are you?
He's hiding in your base.
Oh my goodness. Why are you hiding in my base, dude? You got your own stuff to work for. Bro, get out of here. Oh my goodness. Get over here. How am I missing? Okay, the burst SMG sucks. What else can I get here? A race portal. A new weapon for 150. Wait, I already had the shotgun. Oh, and a pizza party pit. Okay, what?
Huh?
What in the world is going on? This guy's attacking me. Hey, yo. Did you get these little guys that are trying to kill you?
Yeah, make sure you kill them. You get money.
I'm killing them, but do they keep respawning? Oh, I guess they're gone. Dude, can these guys stop spawning?
You have to kill them.
I'm killing all of them, but they just keep coming back. All right, there we go. They're gone now. Thank you.
Wait, why didn't anyone say there was a second floor?
You didn't know that?
No.
Most of these maps have second floors.
Bro, I was sitting on the bottom floor.
Oh, nah.
Come on, man.
That's embarrassing. Okay, parkour portal. Get one lucky wheel spin if you complete the parkour. All right, will do. I'll complete the parkour first try. Just you watch. You have to sprint on like all these. Wait, can I make this jump? Yep, I can. But then where do I go from here? What? In the bougie? Do I have to make that long jump? Oh, I do. I didn't even think that would have been possible, to be honest. Oh, I almost... No, bruh, really? Okay, I might have fallen once on the parkour. Nobody saw it, though. Let me get a wheel spin. I want that thing. Where's the end of this parkour? Is it up here? This is like only up. I don't even know if I was supposed to jump over here. Wait, I think this is the right spot. Oh, a mantle.
Your buns.
No, I'm not. I'm doing the parkour.
Uh-huh.
See? Look. Uh-oh, don't fall off. And then all the way up to the top. Let's go. And now we got to make it all the way over here. Is this the last of it? Yo, did you complete this entire parkour, Mia?
No, I haven't done it yet. I'm on my second floor.
Well, then how in the world did you get a free spin?
I spun the wheel and I ended up getting 2 free spins.
Nah, that's a scam.
You didn't get one?
I didn't even spin the wheel yet.
Oh.
Now I gotta make this jump and then go all the way over here. Jump around. Yo, they got Neo jumped on this parkour.
Huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be really bad for you.
Bro, why?
Wait, okay, I gotta make this a long jump now. Oh, I made it. Wait, and I got a free lucky wheel spin.
Yay!
All right, gimme. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I got a 1.5 money boost for 60 seconds. All right, I'm going to grind out this thing then.
Lucky.
I'm getting that money boost. I'm using the most of it. 60 seconds is not a lot of time, so I got to spend every single second over here. I'm getting plus 150 a second though, which is not bad. And then another 600 per second. What? Okay, yeah, this is kind of OP. Let's go.
Wait, so you get like 750 a second?
Yeah, right now I am.
Yeah, I get like 2600.
What?
So.
All right, you just wait until I get my money up. Second floor. Boom. Do I want to buy anything out here? New weapon. 50 strength. Wait. Oh, I got to kill 50 enemies. That makes sense. Okay, well, I can do that. Spawn some enemies for me. Boom. Dead. You're dead. You're dead. And you're dead. Okay. 50 enemies. I'm already at 14, which is not bad. Oh, wait. They disappear if you don't kill them.
Oh, yeah, they do. You got to stay within the line.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Boom. Do not cross that speed bump, guys. You're going to disappear. I'm at 22 now. I'm almost halfway there.
Okay, Boos.
Everybody gets first SMG. Oh, except you. You don't want to die. Boom. Get away. Ew, these guys got weird tongues. Are they trying to lick me or something? That's weird. Oh, nah. All right. I just need a few more of you to die so I can get this cool upgrade. Please? Please? Thank you. I wonder if they hit me, how much damage they do. What if I just let this guy hit me? Oh, okay. Yeah, they do a lot of damage. Never mind. Chill. Chill out.
They take away your shield really fast.
Okay, I'll be sure to not let them hit me anymore. And wait, I have 56 now on the side of my screen. I got a new weapon for it. Hey, machine SMG. Gimme. Thank you. Oh, yes, sir. This thing's way better than the last one. I'll get the next weapon soon. I want to go to floor 2 and see what we got up here, though. Conveyor for 10,000. Easy. Mushroom pipe. Walls. Oh, yeah, I got 2 floors to my place now.
I've had 2 floors. I'm on my 3rd one.
Wait, what is this? Boosts? Boost number 1. Huh. Money block 1.5 for 30 seconds. Okay, I don't know what a money block does. Arena money. Okay, cool. Now we're bougie. And wait, there's a special ability right here for 50,000 bucks. Okay, let me grind this generator at the top then. Oh, yeah, we're getting way more from generator number 2. I don't know why I wasn't doing this earlier. Hey, yes, sir.
I need to get to floor 3.
I'll be there soon. It costs $200,000 and 100,000 mushrooms. So that's what we need mushrooms for now. They're not just used for statues, I think.
How many mushrooms do you have?
88,000.
I have 756,000.
Okay, what?
Yeah, there's a machine downstairs that you have to hit in order to get more mushrooms per second.
What the bougie? Well, I'll go do that. Although, I'm also going to grind some of this out first. I want to make a lot of money so I can buy this mushroom pipe real quick.
Okay, Boos.
Actually, I'll go grind some of the mushrooms down here. Do I see the miner? Where the miner at? Okay. You better stay over there at your base. I know you're scared. I make way less money from doing the one on the first floor. Also, why do I hear shooting over there?
You better not be near my base, miner.
I think he's fighting some arena goblins.
Oh, gosh.
How in the world do I get more metal? There's so much stuff here I could buy with it, but I don't have enough. Oh, it's the mushrooms.
Have to break the mushrooms outside?
Yeah, that makes sense. All right. I want to get this little mushroom pet that gives me plus 3 metal per second. He looks pretty chill. More lumberjack items. Sawyer's items cost 200. I don't need that right now. Let's hit this little mushroom guy. Give me all that metal. Okay, I'm not sure if this one's even that good. What about this guy? Oh, wait, this guy's way better. Wait, what about this guy? And this guy? This one gives plus 30 metal. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna grind this one out then. I'm just gonna get a ton of metal and then go buy everything that's inside the base with it.
I'm on my 3rd conveyor.
Is that on the 3rd floor?
Yeah, Boosh.
What? I need to get my 3rd floor. All right, I'm going to get my money up. Let me just buy this stuff with metal first. Sawyer's items, boom. Miner items cost 300. I'm almost there. Apparently, they reload after a while if you hit them too much. So I have to let this little guy reload now.
Oh, I got a bougie trail.
Really?
Yeah, I'm looking real good.
Well, I'm spinning the wheel right now. Please give me something good. 2 more spins would be nice. Hey, yo, miner, chill over there. What is wrong with you? Oh, nah. Hold on, I'm eating a slice of pizza real quick. All right, just chill out over there. Let me eat a slice of pizza again. All right, now die. Oh, I know that hurt you. I know you're low. You just got the sneak attack on me. Miner, where you at? Don't you hide now. Yo, is he grappling away?
I think he left.
He's grappling. Nah, he's terrified. Why are you so scared? Come back here. Where is he going? Oh, nah. Okay. Yo, I just outshot him. Hey, yo. Oh, yeah. You see, when you don't get the jump on me, you never want to mess with me. I'm the king.
Are y'all down there fighting?
Maybe.
What's wrong with you?
All right, I'm going to focus on my farm. Don't worry.
I get like 10K per second.
What?
Jeez.
Okay, Booch.
I got a milli mushrooms.
Yo, who's coming back over here? I hear somebody. Oh, it's the miner. Yo, you making me boogie over here? Oh, nah. He's got a boogie bomb and shotguns now.
Oh, I would stay away from him.
Nah, I'm not staying away. I know you're in my base. I'm not scared of you. I don't have the right keybind set. Yo, stop camping up in my base. What in the bougie? Oh my goodness. Get out of my base, bruh. Where is he? Is he around here? Nah, you boogied yourself. Look at you. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Yeah. That's right, miner. That's why you get out of my base. All right. Don't make me set my Fortnite keybinds. I could become a tryhard easily. Mia's over there grinding right now.
Yeah, I have my 4th floor now.
What?
Yeah, dude, I'm so much better than you.
Nah, the miner's trying to kill me right now. Hold on. But he's running away because he's scared. Oh! Did that hurt it, miner?
Ain't no way, bro.
He comes to my base and just dies every time. Oh, nah.
Does he still have the boogie bombs?
I got no idea, to be honest. Although, I'm fighting some of these mobs right here now.
Hey, yo, he's in my base!
Nah.
Oh!
Hey, yo, he's an easy kill. Don't worry, Mia.
Bro, he
Okay, maybe not for you. He's got to go for easier pickings after me.
You little weirdo, bro.
I need to keep grinding this base. I have not been cooking. I've been distracted. Oh, what's up, Miner? What's up? Okay, never mind. I died.
Yeah, bro lit me up.
I'm setting my Fortnite keybinds. I'm going tryhard mode. All right, it's full tryhard mode now. I had to put on the real keybinds for Fortnite. Just because we got a little camper up here. Hey, yo. Wait, why am I dancing?
Hey, better you than me. Better you
Hey, yo,
than me.
I don't want to be dancing over here. Go ahead, boogie. You're gonna boogie yourself now too. Oh nah, bro. You're just gonna keep boogieing yourself. I'm gonna just stay near you. What up? Boom! Try and get away. I got Fortnite keybinds now. I am not losing a single fight now. Even if I have worse weapons, it just doesn't matter. This whole tycoon has just turned into a 1v1 now. Oh nah, he's still fighting over there. Yo, didn't you just respawn?
I am not trying to be in that.
Didn't you just respawn over there? Uh-oh, he's hurt. Hey, yo, he's hurt. Oh, wait, I'm reloading. Hold on. Okay, cool, I'm ready. Boom! What's up? Nah, even with the head start. Sorry, Mia, I just have to cook the miner. He keeps coming to kill me.
Hey, bye by me.
Nah, she's getting ahead because of us. That is not bougie.
I don't want him coming over here, bro.
It's okay, he only goes for me. New weapon for 750k. Wait, I want the new weapon. I want that thing. Let me cook for a little bit. I have enough now. What even is this new weapon? Oh, a scar? I'll take that. Yo, this is goated. And I can kill more mobs with this. Okay, hold on. Let me get up to 200 strength so I can get that weapon too. Why not? Let's do it. This thing's goated. I'm grinding out. These monsters are all dying to the hands of me. Yo, did I just hear somebody above me? Hey, who's out there?
Oh, probably the miner.
Oh, nah. Miner, what you doing? He's trying to get the jump on me. Oh, there you are. What in the bougie? Oh, he boogied me. Yo, don't run now.
Oh, nah.
Don't run, bruh. He's running. What in the world? What are you doing? Nah, get over here. He's in your base, Mia. He's won. No. You just gotta shoot him.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Oh, I'm hitting him. He's on your bottom floor.
Wait, I'm in my bottom floor.
What? He's over here in the middle now? Where did you even come from?
I'm coming!
All right, don't run away now, Miner.
I see him.
Oh, I killed him. Don't worry.
Yeah!
Nah, Mia's trying to fight me now.
Wait. I don't have good aim. Wait.
You didn't wait for me. You didn't wait for me.
Dude!
Yo, third party. Yo, we got a third party.
Come on, bro. I'm running away.
I gotta clear this guy out. Humble him.
I ran away.
Humble this guy. Yeah. Wait, Mia, chill. Don't kill me. Yo, you trying to kill me?
Bro, my aim is so buns.
Whoa. Oh, no. He's won. Why did this just turn into a big fight now? Oh, let's go. Yo, hold on. The miner's respawning. I'm missing my shotgun shots. What is that shotgun? Is that a tactical shotgun? Not better than my pump, though. Dude, what is that shotgun? Miner, why are you running now? Why are you running?
Yo, I hear footsteps near my base, bro. Go away.
It's not in your base. He went to my base. He has a grappler and some sort of shotgun. I need to grind for that.
Ain't no way.
Hold on. I want that grappler. That thing is sick. Come on, monsters. Yo, Miner, you gonna try and jump on me, huh? I predicted you. I knew you were gonna try and do that. Why don't you just come down here instead of killing me up? Once I get this grappler and a better shotgun, the miner's going down 10 times in a row. I'm gonna make him leave the game.
Oh, nah.
You can't outshoot me from up there. Yo, I'm gonna pickaxe you, bruh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Run along back to your base. There you go. I wish these guys would respawn faster or just give me infinite ammo.
I know. Why don't we get infinite ammo?
I have no idea. But these things take so long to kill.
Yeah, you're telling me, bro. I gave up on that.
It's actually easy to kill them, but since they respawn after so long, you're just stuck here waiting for no reason.
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go. I'm at 162. I could make it to 200 pretty easy.
I get like 40k a second, bro.
Well, you know, I would grind, but somebody always comes to my base and just likes killing me, so I was stuck in fights for like half the game.
I know, it's great. I don't have to deal with it.
I wouldn't be so excited yet, Mia. You never know what could happen.
Me and the miner have a secret truce.
That's definitely not true. I'm unlocking more weapons now. Oh, I see the shotgun. Wow, auto shotgun, huh? Okay. I'm just gonna keep grinding these things out. Wait, what if I just use this shotgun against them, though? Come on, keep spawning. Boom. Oh my goodness, this thing is crazy. This thing has like 10 million shots in it. What?
Wait, what gun?
The auto shotgun.
Oh, that sounds goated.
Yeah, it's goated. I'm gonna make it to 500 so quickly with this. Although, I don't want to keep grinding for that. I want to go back upstairs.
Bro, I need more metal. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, I can buy a special right here. Oh, this is where the grappler is. Give me one of those, please. Okay, that's not bad. What about this? Wait, can I get multiples of this? I have to use metal every single time I buy this vending machine?
Yeah.
All right, now I actually have the grappler. Hello, miner. Oh, yo. Whoa. Oh! He's dead.
Yay!
All I needed was the same guns. Oh, nah, yo, he's trying to kill me. Hey, bruh, chill. Oh, yo. Oh! Yo, he couldn't even kill me. Oh, nah. Yo, what in the bougie? What was that?
Ain't no way.
Yo, he's trying to hit me. He can't hit me, though. Oh, nah, Martin. All right, I need to go up and get my grappler back. It's time to get my swag back. Here we go. Boom. Wait, hold on. Why do I hear somebody nearby? Huh, maybe I didn't. Maybe a bug flew in my ear.
You might want to get
that out?
I don't know. I haven't seen the miner in a while. Although I do see him from across the way. Where are you at? I know you're under me. Where though? Okay, he playing the quiet game.
You know where he's hiding, bro.
Well, yo, where are you? I don't even know where you saw me from. What? Where are you? Oh, nah! Rah! Boom! Oh, gosh. Okay, I couldn't even see where he was at. Oh, I see you up there. Oh, hello, miner. What up? Yo, let me switch to my shotgun. Hey, yo. Okay, I could not switch to my shotgun. That was booty.
I got jump boots.
What is that? Wait, you got jump boots?
Yeah, they're called Spire jump boots.
Nah, hold on. Okay, how did that miss? Boom! Oh, yes, sir. He's dead. Now, about the jump boots you were talking about?
Yeah, I got them on my 4th floor. You might be able to buy them.
Oh, that makes sense.
You need 300 metal.
Hold on, I'm killing the miner real quick. Never mind, I'm not killing the miner. I was on 40 health. Yo, go in, go in.
Yo, oh! He has my vehicle.
Bruh, what?
Yeah, it's in his base.
Oh, nah.
Huh. Well, that's not good.
He's running around in there. I'll get it back for you, Mia. Don't worry.
Please.
He's running out. Mia, you see him running that way?
Wait, where is he?
On your hoverboard?
Bro, dude, give it back.
Oh, I know that hurted. I know that hurted. Nah. Mia, he's won.
I'm going. I got my weapon.
I don't think she wants her hoverboard back.
No, I had to grab a weapon. Okay.
He's running away from you right now.
Ooh, give me that bolty, bro.
You got a bolt sniper?
Yeah, huh?
How?
It costs 5 milli, bro.
What?
I'll be bougie and stuff. Okay, where's the miner?
He's camping. This is boring.
I see him. He's on my hoverboard. He's on my hoverboard. Bro.
What? Wait, what? Yo, why is he running over there?
Yeah, you want the bolt?
Oh, sure.
All right. Ow, grab it. He's killing me.
Don't worry, I got it. Okay, wait. I don't know how Fortnite snipers work. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, me either.
I'm not using this thing.
I thought it was good. It was 5 mil.
Just kidding, miner. What's up? Uh-oh. I hurted him. Nah, he keeps boogie bombing. Yo, Mia, help.
I'm shooting him. He's low. He's on the white.
Oh! Hey, that's right, boy.
I got these as well.
Oh, nice. Wait, the miner's running. Wait, that's actually sick. What in the world?
Yeah, I don't know what they do.
Does it allow you to jump more or something?
I'd assume so. That cost me good money, bro.
All right. Oh, my aim's better than yours. Boom! I don't know how to use these jump boosts. I don't know what they do. Oh, you could try to run away now. You could try to run away. It won't work. Yeah! It will never work. Yo, miner, where you at? Just kidding. I know where you're at. I see you over there. Hey, yo, Mia, he's trying to snipe. Yo, he's trying to snipe.
No, I don't want to get sniped.
He won't be able to, though. Whoa. What did those jump boosts just do? Whoa, that was sick. Hold on, wait. I gotta test these out. Hey, chill. I have no idea what those just did. Bruh, what? Okay, hold on. I think I could double jump with this stuff. Let me just kill the miner real quick. Easy. All right, I gotta figure out how to use these things now. Yo, who's hopping up here?
Got another item.
Wait, let me test my boots in peace, bruh.
Question, is the shockwave hammer good?
I haven't even unlocked that. I have no idea.
I want to test it.
Okay, Booge. Get out of my base, boy. Hey, yeah.
Can I try it on you?
Sure. But you need to come to my base.
Okay, I'm here.
Actually, you should try it on the miner.
Okay. Ah, he's shooting me, guys!
What? Yo. Don't worry, I got him. Hey, yo, he's trying to snipe. He's trying to snipe. Ah! Nightmare. Boom.
Can I try it?
Headshot. Yeah, go ahead.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Okay.
Test it.
Miner, watch out!
Yo.
Yeah!
What did that do?
Oh, it is sick, dude.
What? Hold on. I'll get rid of him for you. Don't worry. He's easy.
Ow.
Nah, quit running. You can't escape. Nightmare! Anyways, what does that
I'm
thing do?
gonna show you. It is so good. Watch this. Yeah!
Okay, wait. That actually is kind of awesome. It doesn't damage me, though.
Yeah.
Yo, watch out. Someone's missing their shots over there. Oh, nah. You hiding behind here? What's up? Hey, what's up? Yeah. These jump boots are so buns.
He's coming for you, guys.
Where? I'm not even at my base.
He is.
Oh, wait. He knows where I am? How do you know where I am? He can see my name tag, can't he? Oh, nah. Nah, you just boogie bombed yourself. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that hurts. Yeah. Out of my base. Wait, I have $2 million.
Okay, Booze.
What in the world? Did I just do this? Oh, I can. Oh, this is sick.
He's in my base, bro.
Nah.
Dude, get out of here, bro. Ah! Guys!
Yo, I can't. What are you asking me for?
Oh!
Whoa, this thing looks cool.
He killed me, bro. He killed me.
Nah.
Dude, he's on my 2nd floor. Dude, I can't get in my face. You gotta get him out.
All right, don't worry. I'm on my way. I'm coming to help.
Okay, he's in there, and I don't know what to do.
Extermination team.
Let me get my doors turned off.
Where is he at?
He's somewhere on one of the floors.
I think he's hiding from me.
Okay, my doors are off.
Oh, never mind. He's over here. I'm Reaper. Oh, don't worry, Mia. I got him. He's easy.
Yeah!
Now the base is free.
Oh, thank goodness. Bro was lighting me up.
I gotta test something on you. Hold on. Go to your arena at the bottom.
Okay, I hear him. He's back.
Yo, wait. Let me test something. Chill. Chill, miner. Chill. Truce. All right, I want to test this scythe. Hold on. Huh. Oh, that does no damage. Yo, this thing's buns.
No, wait, it does decent amount.
Oh, wait, you can combo with it. Hey, Miner, cut it out, boy. Cut it out. Cut it out. Wait, I just threw him into the wheel spin.
Oh, nah.
That kind of just turned into a whole end fight the entire time. But if you want to watch more videos like this, then click on your screen here. And if you enjoyed, then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video, and peace.